Today, we added the engineer role to 3D Among Us. The engineer can use any vent around the map, and they're basically the savior of all the crewmates. So let's see if we can figure out who the imposters are with their help. We're back with 3D Among Us, and this time we added an engineer role. So that's one more person that can vent. And now we're muted up. Let's see what I get first. I got crewmate. So it's time to figure out which 2 people in this lobby are imposters. And I didn't get engineer, which is kind of buns. We also changed some settings so that it's a little better for imposters, because to be honest, this game is way too easy if you're a crewmate. But let's start off by doing our tasks. There's one. Juliet's right there. She came from that side. And Miner just came from the middle. Did he kill somebody over here? Peanut is just AFK. For some reason, I don't believe that. Shady is medbang. Shady is medbang. He is safe. All right. So I know Shady's safe. Is anybody else safe? Oh, Mia hopped in a vent. So she's either engineer or imposter. I don't really know. All right, Meebo, you better not kill Shady while I'm in there. Let's go over here and let's fix this. All right. Shady better not be dead. Okay. He's holding out his hand. What? Is Mia being sus right now? For some reason, I don't trust her. Nico just walked out of here. Did he just kill somebody? Oh, and we got a sabotage. We got a sabotage going. Meebo, we gotta go, buddy. We gotta go. I swear, if I see a dead body, I'm gonna see a dead body somewhere. I'm scared. Hello, Juliet. Why are you so sus? Did you kill a body in here, possibly? No. Okay. Peanut's coming over from this side. Did you kill someone? Peanut, you skibbity toilet.
So it's for sure Peanut?
I'm like 80% sure, because he walked out of that room into cafeteria and I followed his footsteps backwards and she's just dead right there.
I did see Nico running away from storage, and then there was Juliet's body in storage.
So Peanut and Nico.
Huh? Wait, then why don't you report that body?
You talking about me?
So you were just looking at it?
Yeah, I looked at it for like a couple seconds, and then this body got reported.
Also, Peanut was quote-unquote AFK at the beginning of the round, so I was already sus.
I just got back, and then I walked into a room, I see a dead body, then I look around to find who did it, and then I see Cash, and he reported it.
I also saw the dead body laying in storage. Shady and Mia did medbay. They are clear.
I did see Shady doing medbay, and I do think Mia's clear.
Zoe has been really silent.
Zoe's just been hanging out.
Zoe, you have proof that you're innocent?
I was doing the one little task in, is it reactor? I think it's reactor, where it's like beep boop beep boop.
Peanut, what's your story about that body that you walked?
I saw the body, so I looked around for who killed him.
I don't trust that. I'm saying Peanut. I say we vote him. Oh, wait, are we splitting it?
Oh my gosh.
I got no explanation for what you said, but I'm gonna be real.
What is that?
I already skipped.
How do we have so many skips? What?
Oopsies.
Well, I feel like that is Peanut. I don't trust him. I also don't know how there was that many skips. What? Okay, well anyways, let's keep going this way. Let's see.
Nah, they're not getting away with this.
Bro, I said I am medbay.
Nico and Peanut were just watching me by the button. They were the only ones that didn't leave cafeteria.
Yeah, I was pointing at you because you accused me, dog.
This is what they were doing. They were both just standing here like exactly like this, like looking at me about to press the button.
Exactly. I don't need to do my task. I'm just trolling.
I was trying to get somebody to come watch me medbay.
You have medbay for sure.
Yes, I told you this round.
Okay, if Peanut has medbay,
Then let's vote Nico and then watch Peanut.
all right, bet.
Oh, yeah, I could do that.
I could get behind that.
Should we do that?
Well, you better know now, because I already voted for him. I voted as well.
It wasn't me, bro. Y'all are afraid of me. If Peanut's the murderer, then get him out.
Is there like a jester in this game? Why is he talking like that?
Because he's imposter.
Dude, if you're a crewmate, you're selling, bro.
I saw nothing.
Oh, he's imposter.
Let's see.
Whatever, this always happens to me.
Oh, nah.
Goodbye.
He was an imposter. Peanut, I know it's you. I know it's you, dude. Wherever he's going. I don't trust him. Let's just follow him around. Okay, we gotta go fix this sabotage. I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna go fix the one around here. Meow. Meow. Alright, okay. I did not mean to do that. Alright, boom, 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 boom. Done. Hey, yo. Hey, yo, Mia. Where are you going? Okay, skibbities. Okay, you skibbities.
What was that?
Bro, we're not doing this. You're closing the door on yourself. You're setting off engine. It's you. It is you.
I'm like sure that it's Peanut and maybe Zoe.
Somebody is setting me up.
Why didn't Nico do a better job defending himself?
I think he was the imposter.
No, but it just said ejected. It didn't tell us imposter.
No, I turned it off.
We're sure it's Peanut.
Guys, I did nothing. I was AFK, saw a body.
Because to be honest, if I was crewmate, I would have still showed you guys that I had medbay instead of going straight to oxygen.
Wait, I didn't know you could do that.
No, yeah, you know you could do that.
I'm not lying.
I don't know, Peanut. You're making some weird decisions if you are a crewmate.
Guys, why?
Crazy jester play.
Okay. All right, we go again. I like the vision we got now. And I also like being crewmate. It's less stressful, to be completely honest. All right, it's time to watch everybody here. I'm going to go this way. Let's see. Miner, Peanut, Juliet are following me. I'm going to go down. So I got a task over here. Usually I just like completing all my tasks before doing anything. Wait, am I silly? I think I'm supposed to go around. I have a task over here and I don't know how to get to it. Am I dumb? I feel so stupid right now. Okay, it's over here in admin. It took me a while to get get to it. Wait, what? Do I have to scan my face? Oh, it has to scan me. I can't move anything? Oh, that's why. All right, so you cannot move a muscle on that task. Now, where's everyone at? I'm gonna watch where you all walk. Okay, who's safe?
Oh my. Oh, skip it.
I know it looks bad, guys, but I promise you it wasn't me. I promise you. I don't know where I ended up, but I saw the report button.
Cash, where'd you come from?
I came from admin. It took me a while to get my first task. Wait, who medbait? Let's clear that.
Meebo and Zoe medbay, they are clear.
It had to be Cams because I could still hear you.
Huh. So you found the body in Cams?
I want to say Cams.
Wait, Mia, so was the body in Cams?
It wasn't Cams, yes.
I'm in Cams. What? How did I not see it?
Then maybe electrical? Maybe electrical? I don't know where I was. Guys, you know it's not me.
She's trying to play engineer, but she might be the imposter.
You guys, it's not me. I'm telling you.
Hey, it's chill. I got my trio for the game. We good?
We chill.
Mia?
I'm not gonna have the imposters blame me for their fault.
Yeah, Cash, you sus walking up into medbay like that, bruh.
I heard singing. I can't join.
I was just trying to keep track of who was in medbay. So now we know that Meebo and Zoe are safe.
Yeah, Meebo and Zoe are safe. Minor and Nico sus. Juliet sus. Cash sus. Mia sus.
Hey, you can't just suss everybody like that.
Mia extra sus.
Nico is an imposter. I'm telling you right now. Bro is calling me sus and hasn't seen me at all.
All right, I'm sus of Mia. I'm sus of Nico, Julia, and not Meebo. I don't know, somebody else. Let's see. We could check our map to see where all of our tasks are. We got 3 on this side. It's all on the left side of the map. Miner's coming from there. Oh, and lights are turning out. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. I swear, if I die right here, I'm gonna be so sad. Please do not kill. I can't see anything. Oh, jeez. Nico, you walking from here all sus and stuff. I think Miner just did that task. Okay, it's really hard to find your direction on this game. I'm not gonna lie. Hello, Zoe, Shady, Meebo, Miner. Okay, well, can I do this real quick? Boom. All right, done. Okay, skibbity toilet. Mia, Miner. Where's she walking from? She killed someone? Did she kill someone? I have no idea. Mia, I swear, if you chase down Meebo right here and killed him, I'm gonna be so sad. No. Interesting. Julia just walked from here. An emergency meeting. Word. Meebo's dead?
Who killed him?
Mia, was it you?
I'm not gonna take your blame, buddy.
Minor and Cash came in and faked the same task in electrical, bruh.
That is true. Minor was faking tasks.
I did that task.
Okay, what did you have to do in that task?
I had to switch it to the icon that was correct.
What was the first task you did this game?
It was an admin task.
And what was that?
Oh, I had to scan my face. I had to stand still so it could scan my full face.
What?
Yeah, that was the first time I ever did it.
I mean, for some reason, Miner is saying that Shady's faking tasks and that Shady was with Meebo.
Zoe, I was with you when you were doing that last reactor task. I was watching your back, making sure nobody came and kill you, and Meebo ran off on his own, and Cash also went that way.
Okay, I can't verify that he was fully watching me, but I do trust Shady a lot.
If I'm tripping, didn't Meebo medbay?
I was doing the reactor, like the little beep boop, beep boop.
The Simon Says, right? He knew that you were gonna be locked in with that, so he went and got a quick kill while you weren't looking. I think it's Shady.
Let's all just stay together and stick together like a family.
Yeah, don't kill him yet. Don't kill him yet.
Let's see who voted me. Probably Minor and Cash. Yeah, it's them two, bruh. It's them two. It's them two.
I think it's Shady still. He is very sus. I know you're sus. I know you are sus. He's walking together with Zoe. They're gonna break Zoe's trust or keep her alive so that she can vote me out. I cannot be outed like this. Uh-oh. Wait, Mia's venting. Okay, she's probably engineer. Meow. Gotta go this way. Am I gonna die? Oh gosh. All right, now I think I'm gonna go press the button. Or wait, we'll do this real quick. Done. All right, go, 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 go. Oh jeez, doors are shut. I swear, if I die here, I'm gonna be so angry. Mia, did you kill someone? Shady, Nico, Zoe's over there. Let me look at cams. Let's watch this. Anyone sus? Zoe and Nico are together, and Shady's there. Okay. Well, is Juliet gonna kill him? Miner's gonna press the button right now. Why do I feel like the miner just died? Should I go? Okay, wait. Mia's hopping out of vents, but I think she's safe. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. We gotta go fix this right now. Either Miner or Juliet's dead. I knew it. It has to be Juliet. I saw her chasing them down through cams.
Is it Juliet and Cash?
Can someone confirm he was on Cams?
Why do you think it's me?
You are sus.
How am I sus?
I saw Cash doing tasks by himself. Like, he was standing on them for a minute, so...
I've done all my tasks, and I was in cams, and I watched Juliet chase down the miner.
He played the lone soldier all game.
I'm moving on the right side going to O2.
Dude, I was with you guys all game.
Yeah, Nico was with us like pretty much the whole match. There's no way he killed Minor.
That's why I'm saying it's Juliet.
He low-key marinating us though, probably. It could be Juliet and Mia.
I don't think it's Mia.
Like, why am I getting blamed for having done nothing?
Nico is probably marinating you guys, or Shady is marinating you guys.
No, Shady did a task.
He did? A visual one?
A visual one.
I'm deciding to switch it up because I'm not with people the entire game, just doing my tasks, and now I gotta be with the family.
It could be Mia and Nico.
It's just still not Mia. It's still not Mia. All right? It's not me.
I don't know. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. I thought it was Miner and Cash, but now I don't know.
I say Juliet. I'm saying Juliet.
Okay, Juliet.
And if I'm right, better not have any sus.
We're dead, bro.
Please give it to me.
Let's go.
All right, well, I got her out, so there better not be any sus on me. Now I'm sus of you, Nico. I am sus of you. I know it's you. He's got to be the second one, right? I have no idea. I'm just going to stick with the group. All right, well, Mia and Nico are on the radar, and I'm pretty sure we know that it's Nico. Or it could be Shady. Who knows? Who knows? And lights are going out. Okay, we got to fix that. We got to fix that ASAP. Let's go. Who's going to fix it with me?
Bro, Nico.
You tried to blame me?
Bro, Nico is all that, bro.
Wait, who died?
Bro, he was trying to marinate, bro. Get him off at the ship, bro.
So it's Nico?
Wait, Zoe? Zoe died?
Nah.
We could vote me for giggles, but
We don't even need to vote here, bro. Let's just let him cook. I'm skipping. Let's let him cook.
Word.
I'm confused. Why do you guys think it's me?
because it wasn't me.
Yeah, we don't know if it's not you yet. How do we not know it's Shady?
You sus.
You were marinating me too hard, bro. Bro tossed me around in chicken broth and barbecue sauce and ketchup.
Sounds kind of good.
All right, I'm just confused.
Wait, are we not voting him out?
I skipped.
Okay, come with me to Nav. Come with me to Nav, bro.
All right, stick together like a family.
All right, I don't know why Mia skipped that. I guess we're going with Shady to Nav. I'm not gonna see a single thing here. Nico, you're sus, bruh. All right, well, Shady's over here in Nav, and I think we're just doing the last tasks. I still gotta fix the lights. You are bad. Really, bruh?
I'm not even near him at this point.
All right, Nico, you just want to vote her out?
Yeah.
Bruh, you killed right in front of me, Nico.
Wait, you're voting me?
No, I'm not voting you.
Okay, I thought it was Mia, but now I'm thinking it's Cash.
Okay. Are you just trying to pin it on anyone now?
No, dude. There's two people left, and it's either you or Mia, but you were closer to Shady, dude.
We already decided last round that it was you. Mia just decided to skip.
I don't know. I'm confused. I think it might be Cash.
What?
I'm confused too. Is it Cash?
We already made the decision.
Yeah, but you were right next to Shady and he died.
I got Juliet out. Why are you switching up now?
I was just a Juliet the entire time.
No, it's because everyone blamed me and I was just an innocent crewmate.
Okay.
My little body just squirming around.
All right, give me imposter. Oh, yeah. No, I'm just kidding. But I did get imposter. I said that unmuted.
What does imposter mean?
What? Why is Shady saying that? He's not even my teammate. It's me and Peanut. Okay. I guess me and Peanut are gonna have to fake a lot of tasks here. I don't know which one to fake first, though. We can go to navigation, and we can pretend to do this. Let's see. Should I go hide an event? Yeah, let's go hide an event. All right. Can I chase one of them down and then turn out lights? I would love to do that. No!
Okay, I have intel.
Who was it?
I just saw Zoe vent.
You liar!
Oh my god.
Zoe or Nico?
Say that again! Say that again, huh? So if Shady died, and Peanut, Meebo, and who else was in there?
Okay, no, I saw Nico vent. He went, let me show you something. He went to a vent, crawled in it, came back, and then reported a body.
That's exactly what she said.
Mia, I can't with him. He's framing me. He's actually framing me.
Zoe actually sounds passionate, and so I think it's Nico.
There was a group of people in there where Shady died. I just saw him.
Well, there's two imposters, too.
I was over here where the meteor task is next to the vent, and he went, wait, let me show you something. Went through the vent. I waited there, and he came back. You came back, too.
I was doing the task, and she was doing that to me.
Peanut, do you care to explain? I was looking at Shady, and then his head broke.
What?
I watched it happen with Mabel. Peanut killed Shady.
Oh, nah.
I was watching him. I didn't kill him.
Yeah, way to put the sus on me, Zoe.
No, I want this guy out right now, because how dare you?
Don't listen to Zoe. She's just like in her own world doing something.
Vote Peanut. Vote Peanut. Oh my, what are you guys doing?
Bro's probably the engineer, and we just voted him out.
If you were trolling Nico, he was.
Really? And you did that for nothing!
Well, we know that it's Peanut. All right, we gotta go fix the sabotage. Oh, geez. We gotta go. I will go, quote unquote, fix this one. Oh, geez. Wrong way. Can I kill right here? Oh, my goodness gracious. Who threw that?
We back, baby.
Who voted Nico?
I did, but to be fair, he was accusing me.
Okay.
Don't point at me. I literally just said the truth. I'm the crewmate. I don't know why he did that.
Okay, well, I guess it adds up if he was the engineer.
Vote Peanut. Get the Peanut out of here. Please, it cannot be me. I've been imposter too many times. It's not me.
Well, Juliet and Meebo both are blaming you.
I saw them in a group together. They all were in there.
Unless this is a W play from Meebo and Juliet.
Yeah, I was about to say that.
The Peanut didn't report the body.
Meebo did the emergency meeting just now, too.
That is true.
They would have done a double kill, or if they killed, then Peanut would have reported the body.
Nah, get the Peanut out. I was in shock. I was just talking to Shady.
We saw it happen!
If we skip here, is that a dumb decision?
The Peanut is full of lies.
Peanut, what is your defense?
I am a May.
He lied again!
Do you actually have medbay?
No, he doesn't. However, I skipped.
But he's out, so we can see. Okay, so now I can put all the sus on Mia. I should probably target Meebo or Juliet for the next kill. I could just go hide in vents. Let's go hide in a vent over this way. Yeah, nobody sees me. All right, now where do I want to pop out at? I can only go in between two vents right now. Let's go out here. Who's over there? Is anybody near me? Oh, it's Zoe and Minor. Okay, we're chilling. Okay, we're good. I'm just sticking with them. Juliet, are you safe? I know I'm the one that's not safe, but I'm just playing this out like crazy right now. Let's keep going on this side. Where's everyone at? Hopped in a vent. All right, let's hop out over here in admin. Zoe's right here. We could go out this way. I'm looking for Juliet or Meebo. Let's go. Let's go. I need to find a kill right now. No one's doing their tasks, so I do have a little bit of time. Where's everyone at? Okay, let's turn out lights. Oh, nah. Now I can see. I see Zoe over there. I see the Minor over there. What if I go back around this way then? I'm just gonna follow Juliet and Meebo around. Okay, I think we're chilling. We could turn off reactor if we wanted to, but everybody's sticking in a group right now, so we might have to do this differently. Just a little bit. How do I want to play this right now? Oh, geez. Okay, we gotta go. We gotta go. Fix it. Triangle, triangle, circle, triangle, triangle. Juliet's there. Mia's there. I could kill Juliet here if I wanted to. Let's go in this way. Anybody dead this way? No. Nobody saw the kill on Meebo. And doors are shut. Yo, who shut the doors? Don't you run from me, Juliet. I will kill you in here. I'm sorry, Juliet. I had to. I had to do it. Now we hop in a vent and we will go out this way. Actually, is this a bad idea? Juliet is also dead. I just found her.
Who could it be?
Yeah. So when we turn the lights back on, like, what? Meebo didn't make it to lights. Meebo's been dead.
He been dead?
Been dead.
Was that during reactor? Or not reactor? O2?
Yeah. When I had to do the ++0 whatever.
Cash was with Meebo! Wait a minute, Cash was with Meebo at that time!
I was with you!
No, you walked away with Meebo and then I did the whatever it's called.
Zoe, did you not see me right there with you? And then we walked out together?
Yeah, but last time I saw Meebo was with you.
Or I don't remember him ever being with me.
No, it was definitely with you.
You're either just throwing or you're just imposter.
I was in admin with Minor the entire time.
So it's between you and I.
Yeah, but I don't know. It also could be Zoe, though.
It's not Zoe.
Let them cook.
We don't have to vote. We don't have to vote. All right, how am I gonna do this? I'm gonna have to shut the door on someone. Let's go around this way. Do I trust these guys? No, I do not. I do not trust anyone. Are they all just gonna follow me? They probably are. Okay, Miner's going in here. We can go this way. They're both on cams. Where's the cam? It's right here. Hello? All right, now I will go kill Zoe wherever she is. Where is Zoe at? I just want to speak to you. Now I do this, and now I kill here. Can I do oxygen sabotage? Is Mia or Miner dead?
Unfortunately, that leaves one person because I was still outside the door. I heard the vent.
You two were together. You vented. Mia and Miner were together the entire round.
Zoe was in admin! Come on, guys!
Zoe's safe. But Zoe, who do you think it was? Me or Cash?
I know Zoe's safe, Mia. I know you're not safe.
Oh, yeah? You want to see who's the better liar?
I know you and Miner were both on cams together. I kept track. And I said if either Mia or the Miner is dead, it's one of them.
So where'd you go?
I went all the way to cams. And I saw them.
No, where were you besides cams?
Well, we were all in a group beforehand. You were there, but you split up.
And tell me one place you went.
Cams?
Besides cams.
I don't know. The reactors?
Okay, it's him.
What?
If you said you went into electrical, I wouldn't still not believe you, honestly.
I did go into electrical, but you already voted me?
Yeah.
All right, we're cooked, Mia. Don't you look at me. Don't you look at me. Don't look at me like that.
I'm scared. I don't know.
Here, let's even out the voting. No, I didn't even vote you.
I voted me.
I was gonna even it out.
I don't want your pity.
Yeah!
I don't want it. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today, we all played hide and seek in Among Us. But since we all have a certain color, we had to find objects around the place that we could hide in. And it was impossible. So let's see if we could successfully dodge the seekers. All right, guys, we have 2 seekers, and we all gotta find a place on the map to hide.
Oh, no.
Let's go.
Uh-oh.
It's time to mute up. All right, since I am red, I gotta look for some red spots around here that I can camp at. I'm not really trying to get killed immediately. This is gonna be embarrassing if I do. Although I feel like it's gonna be very easy to find me. Maybe that's just me. Ooh, this looks like me. Wait, peanut 1? Why is there 2 peanuts? Hey, yo, what just happened? I turned into something else. Hey, this is not what I'm supposed to be. I'm supposed to be red. Oh, God. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna maybe hide over here somewhere. I'm not seeing many red items. What just happened? Martin? Who is the seeker? Who is the... Oh. Well, Shady's dead. Peanut 1 called it. Why is there 2 peanuts?
That's not good.
What's going on here?
Yo, the Miner's got a cool looking banner. Miner...
Yo, okay, so...
What? Who are you? Peanut 1. Miner.
All right.
Peanut 1?
I was just with the Miner, though?
It's either one of them.
I think it's Peanut 1 because I was just with Shady.
So it's either Peanut 1 or Miner?
That's what I think. But how many do we have? We have 6. We have 7. We shouldn't vote on 7.
You gotta remember there's 2 imposters.
Yeah.
Not just one.
Oh, gosh.
So do we vote Peanut 1 out or Miner?
What if it's both the peanuts?
If we make a bad vote and then they get a double kill, then we lose.
True that.
True.
Let's skip.
Okay, skip.
It is very hard to find a hiding spot around here.
Yeah, I tried to hide.
It's impossible. Okay, you know what? Maybe instead of hiding, I should look around and see who's actually killing out here. I can't let anybody get out of my sight. Okay, Mia and Nico are down at the bottom there. I feel like I'm about to see a double kill. Peanut just walked away from here. Did he kill someone? Uh-oh. Sabotage. Who's sabotaging out here? Hey! Hey. How do I get in this place? What's going on? Is it down here? Oh, reactor was fixed. I did not help whatsoever with that. I honestly don't know where I'm going on this map. I'm so confused. Okay, hello? Miner? Wait, is the miner running? What's up here, Miner, huh? You kill someone? Who did you kill? Nope, he didn't kill anyone. Wait, I could spectate. Let me see. Is there anyone around here I need to be looking at? Any dead bodies? Oh no, there's a dead peanut. There's a dead peanut. No. I need to go get him. Go. I think I saw him in the cafeteria. Is that where he was? Oh, Nico's hiding, bruh. Hey, yo. Mia, don't you kill me. Where's the dead body? It's up here. Wait, what? Am I silly? Bro! Okay, that map is so confusing.
Oh, boy.
Oh, man.
I literally saw the dead body on the peanut and I could not find where it was. All right, now we're back on a map that all of us should know a lot better. At this point, I honestly don't even want to hide. I think I'm just gonna walk around and suss anybody out. Maybe I don't even do my tasks. I'm just gonna watch. Okay, you know what? I'll get this task done. Why not? There's only one imposter also, so I think it's gonna be very hard for them to actually kill. So I'm not too worried, to be honest. Is somebody gonna be dead? Oh, Zoe's there. Okay, interesting. Lights are back on. Is there anybody dead down here? Hello? Oh, Mia's right there. She's doing that task. All right, I'm uploading. Don't you kill me, Mia. I saw you walk in through the left side. I swear if I die, I'm going to be very sad. Okay, no, we're good. Cards white. Boom. Thank you. All right, I think Mia's actually doing her tasks, although she could be faking it for sure. Miner, peanut. Okay, good. Uh-oh. We gotta go fix that. We gotta go. Who fixed it? Nico and Peanut 1. Okay, having 2 peanuts is so confusing. Zoe's over there. Mia's right there. I'm very sus of Zoe again. I don't know why. It doesn't really seem like she's doing much around here. Although I have not seen Shady recently. Where in the world is Shady? Is he dead? Oh, there he is. Oh, no! Are you for serious, bro? Right as I saw. Okay, well, Shady is the imposter. Did he kill anybody else? And he self-reported, of course. Let's see if they sus him.
Where'd you find it?
It was at the bottom of cafeteria.
It was Peanut 1.
Peanut 1? Wait, why?
Yeah, they were in medbay. Cash walked into medbay, walked out as I was leaving, and that's the only person that could have been near Peanut 1. Or been near Cash.
There's only one imposter, so we could low-key take the risk if we wanted to.
Or was Mia?
Or it was Mia.
No, it wasn't me. I was on cams.
She could just be accusing.
I watched Nico walk out of a room and Zoe walk through a hallway.
Wait, you were on which hallway, though?
I don't know what the hallways are for cams. Did you not see? It was blinking red. I was on.
Okay, I did see someone on cams.
So do we take Mia's word for it or what?
What if, yeah, you could have vented, though.
I would take my word for it. No, I walked out of medbay to cams.
Suspicious.
Yeah, she could be sus.
Wait, what task were you doing in medbay? Peanut 1?
Peanut 1 left me alive in electrical.
So what are we doing? Are we voting Peanut 1
Uploading samples? Okay.
or are we skipping?
You know what? Let's just vote Peanut 1, and then I'm sus of Mia if not.
No, I'm skipping because they were by the uploading samples. They were by it. I just thought maybe I could trick them into saying medbay.
Okay.
Well, they didn't vote out Shady. I don't even think they're sus of him at all. All right, well, you know what? I might as well just get my task done as a ghost since I am dead. We gotta do the samples. Press to start. That takes a minute, so we're gonna come back to that and fix it. I gotta go do reactor. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we go over here. We got some electrical tasks. Okay. This ones are easy. Boom and boom. Okay, that's done. Oh, lights are off. Someone's definitely gonna die. I gotta go spectate Shady. Let me just do this real quick. Where's Shady at? Did he kill somebody down here? Uh-oh. Skibbity. No, he didn't. All right, whatever. I'm doing everything. I'm doing all my tasks. I gotta catch up. Come on. Navigation. Boom, boom, boom. Nice. I got something in O2. Do I have to clear the leaves? Ah, of course I do. The leaves are sometimes annoying to clear because they're in weird spots. Boom. All right, now I got cafeteria. Just gotta pull that. Boom. And I got this side. I just gotta connect the wires. Boom. Medbay done yet? Oh, it is. Perfect. And then I just have the bottom of storage. Like this. Boom. Done. All right, all my tasks are done, so I'm just gonna spectate Shady now and see if he kills other people. Oh, he just turned off the lights. He's the first one there, though. Yo, all the tasks are gonna get done. I don't know if Shady has enough time. He has not been killing anyone. I don't know if Shady realizes that all the tasks are about to be done. Uh-oh.
It's Shady.
Word?
I saw Shady kill on cam.
Oh,
Camera was on. I saw Cam's on.
that's quite unfortunate, very much.
I'm not even gonna deny it, bro.
That scared me.
Wow.
Oh, he killed on cams. Uh-oh.
Are you lying to me, Peanut?
Another one bites the dust.
Shady, what's your defense? What's your defense? Surely it's not you, right?
Nah, vote me out.
Shady's not even defending himself, so gotta vote him.
I'm skipping. I'm skipping. I don't have enough information.
You're skipping?
Why do Peanut spelling medbay like that? Midbay? Midbay?
That is not how you spell medbay.
Why is Zoe not telling them it's Shady? She literally saw him on cams. She just let them skip. Oh, wait, never mind. They voted him out.
I don't know. I don't know.
All right, well, we win.
I think I got him.
Let's go.
Shady was the imposter.
Yay!
Oh, how? I didn't even know that.
Dude, for real.
Yo, all the tasks were almost done, too. That was scary.
I was looking for bodies.
Okay.
Time to...
It's time to mute up. Mia muted in the middle of her sentence. And I'm crewmate again. I feel like I never get imposter. Why? Why you do that, bro? Now this time I hope I don't get killed first, because that would be buns. I literally just go around as a ghost and do my task. Although it is kind of nice. I was about to do medbay too. All right, well, I know that regular Peanut is safe. Let me go next. Yes, my turn. Aha. Okay, red and white are safe. I better never get sussed after this. Okay, now they can vouch for me. Perfect. Let's see. Why do I feel like somebody's probably dead back here? I just gotta go check just to be sure. Hello? Is anybody dead? Nope. All right, that was a waste of time. Let me just focus on my tasks a little more. I'm gonna do them by section. I'm gonna get this side first. Oh my gosh. Who's over here?
Where?
It was at the entrance of reactor, before the doors.
I was not even there.
I just saw Nico, and then I just saw Mia and Ad.
I think it's brown Peanut.
Really?
It could be.
I think it could be.
I think it's brown Peanut, bruh.
Who did I just...
I was stacking my crystals.
Mia, you just saw me walk away from admin.
I just saw Zoe, and then I saw Nico when I was doing my downloading or uploading, one of the two.
Where?
Yep.
Where the lights had to be fixed was my downloading.
Top right of the map.
And he's heading to cafeteria right now.
And you saw Zoe up there?
Yes, but she was in the room with me.
I feel like it really could be Minor or Peanut. Minor could have just hit like a really good vent, but I feel like I'm leaning more toward brown Peanut.
Me too.
But there's no vent in the reactor area.
Like I know white Peanut medbait and Cash medbait, and brown Peanut watched it.
True.
So that's why I'm thinking he had to eliminate at least one of them first.
I'm sus of brown Peanut.
Okay.
Although I will skip for now.
Okay.
Very sus.
Benefit of the doubt.
All right.
Okay, well, now we are all very sus of him, so we cannot make any wrong moves or else he's out. For sure. I'm gonna watch him like a hawk, just to make sure. Either way, I got a task down here, so let me get this done real quick. Oh, boom, boom, boom. I gotta destroy 20 of these things. Are you for serious right now, bro? All right, done. Perfect. Now I gotta go up here. I'm not really watching anyone just yet, just because I have so many tasks to get done first. I want to focus on those, and then I'll be sus. All right, let me do this. 7, 4, 2, 6, 8. Perfect. Let me get this done. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, brown Peanut's here, and I have a feeling he's gonna kill me, just because I did medbay, and he knows I'm not sus. All right, let's upload this. Hurry up. I'm literally about to get killed. Okay, I gotta go fix this reactor. Oh, nah, Booge. Go. Okay, Mia just came from there. Zoe came from here. Yo, we gotta go to reactor, Zoe. What's going on? Let me in. Oh, someone is so dead. Oh, I guess not. Nobody's dead. Wait, it was the brown Peanut and the miner. Okay. I don't know why the brown Peanut helped. If he is the imposter, it would not make sense. Maybe he's trying to trick everyone. Who knows? All right, it goes this crystal, and now this one, and now this one, this, and this. Perfect. Anything else over here? Nope, I'm done with all my tasks in the laboratory. All right, let me out. All right, perfect. Shady, green miner, and brown Peanut are there. I have a feeling I'm about to die, though. Oh, Zoe's here to vouch for me. All right, good. I'm going back over here. All right, let's connect these wires. Boom. Where did the brown Peanut just go? I know he went up. I know you went up here. Brown Peanut. Hello? Uh-oh. Oh, no.
It's the Peanut, bro. I knew it.
Wait, which one?
The only one that's alive.
Bro, I don't think the Peanut saw me behind the wall in reactor. He just murked Zoe and hopped in a vent.
Oh.
Peanut once said where?
Oh, nah.
Vote him, bro. Vote him. This is like guaranteed, bro.
I'm sorry, Peanut. So if it's not Peanut, we could say it's you, Shady?
I'm sorry, Peanut. Yeah. Whatever.
All right.
Let's go.
Oh, gosh.
Get him out. I'm the imposter.
No, you are not, bro.
No, you not, bro.
Can anybody teach me how to get a cool banner like the miner?
Sure.
I know, right? Bro's a pro.
Dude, that was so funny.
We win!
Thank goodness.
Lego.
Next round, Mia.
Time to mute.
Time to mute up.
Timed him.
Okay, why did Shady have to say that? Everyone's just got to be muted already. All right, now we're on this map, and I'm not imposter again, because for some reason I never am. I don't get it. Why does this game hate me sometimes? There also is 8 people in the lobby, so that makes a lot of sense. Maybe that's why. Although I wish I could just kill for once, but I can't. I'm gonna just have to deal with it. All right, I know Nico went there. I got to turn this down. Boom. That's fixed. All right, Peanut and Mia are here. Do I have medbay? No, I do not. I will watch. Oh, Mia is clear. Okay, good. The Miner and the Peanut one saw it. Okay, Sigma, am I about to watch a death right here? Okay, Mia and the Miner are safe. M and M are safe. Get it? 2 M's. All right, let me stop. All right, is Nico safe? Okay, Nico's safe too. M and M are safe. Now it's just the brown Peanut and the white Peanut that are not safe. They just watched everyone. Okay, Sigma. Well, I'm gonna go this way. Office time. This is where I want to do the task. Oh, Zoe's here. Is she gonna kill me? Shady's dead. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm just gonna press the button. Should I? I think I should. Yeah, I definitely don't know where he is. Okay, I don't know where he is, but Shady is dead.
I was gonna find the body.
Wait, how'd you figure out he was dead?
On vitals.
And 2 people medbayed, including me. I forgot who the other one was.
3 people medbayed. Mia, Miner, and Nico all medbayed.
Huh.
So that means it must be one of the peanuts.
If we assume it's not Cash
Oh no.
It's one of the peanuts.
No, Cash was with me.
or Zoe.
I don't think it was Zoe. She was trying to guide me towards the vitals. She was trying to show me it. It has to be one of the peanuts, I feel like.
Alright, just be very sus.
No, you can ask Zoe. Shady was dead for a while.
Yeah, he's been dead for a bit.
And it would have taken a long time to go search for him.
True.
I have no idea where he could have been. He was probably on the left side of the map, though.
Yeah, I wanted to know where he was.
And I'm pretty sure the brown peanut came in last. So I want to suss the brown peanut. But I'm not sure. It could be the other one. Or it could be Zoe. Maybe.
I don't know.
Zoe, you sus?
No, I'm not sure.
Okay.
I know it's one of the peanuts. I know it's you, brown peanut. All right. I actually don't know if it's him, but he's the one I sussed the most. He was the last one in the medbay area. And I know it's not Mia, Miner, or Nico. They all medbayed. Okay, let's go. It's time to cook with our tasks. Watch how fast I get this one done. Ready? Maze time. Boom. Oh, that was quick. That was so fast. I'm kind of getting goated at this stuff. I just saw the white peanut go in there. I need to keep track. Maybe I'll go on cams and search for the brown peanut. I know he's over here. Uh-oh, lights just went out. No, 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 no. No lights, no lights, no lights. I fix the lights. Boom. Done. Aha. You can try to sabotage. It will not work. All right, who's on cam? There's a dead body. Oh, no. There's a dead body in admin. There's a dead body in admin. Go, 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 go. It is over here. Dead body. Who's around here? Okay, I definitely do think it's the brown peanut, but
I just saw that on cams.
yeah.
Oh, really?
Wait, you saw it on cams?
I didn't see the kill. I saw the body.
Oh.
But also brown peanut, it couldn't have been.
Why not?
Where'd you find the body, Zoe?
It's at the vital thing?
Right at vitals. We saw it on cams and we ran to it.
So in the laboratory?
No. Next to the office.
Oh, brown peanut was in weapons. I went in there and I saw them twice. I went in there twice.
Well, they could have killed before.
They could have, however, they came in right when the round started. That's the first place both of us went to. It is it's possible, but I'm gonna be honest, white peanut was in there as well, and they ran out.
So what are you saying?
So it's still either one of the peanuts.
It might be either one of the peanuts, but I don't know. I lost eyes on.
The white peanut was there on cams with us when Zoe and I saw the body.
Is it me and I just don't know?
No, I know it's not Mia or Nico. I still know it's one of the peanuts. I'm pretty sure it's the brown peanut, but I'm not gonna vote.
I'm not gonna vote either, but I literally just saw them.
I'm doing my own thing. I'm in Nico world right now.
Nah.
Oh, gosh.
All right, well, we're kind of fumbling right now. I feel like we're being dumb. I'm kind of just like focused on my own thing, but I'm very sus of the brown peanut. Okay, he already activated that. I know brown peanut's there. I know he's doing some very bad things. I better not get killed on this side. I swear. Come on. Someone help me out. There we go. Boom. Done. Oh, brown peanut, what you doing? What you doing, brown peanut? You trying to kill, huh? You trying to kill me? Run away, you're gonna die. I'm gonna go check vitals to make sure no one's dead just yet. Is anybody dead? Okay, everyone's okay. We're good. All right. White peanut's right here. Someone's on cams. I gotta make sure they don't die over here in cams. Okay, Mia's here. Brown peanut's here. Zoe and Nico. Interesting. So the white peanut's alone. I'm gonna watch the brown peanut to see what he does. He just went down here somewhere. Did he vent? I could have sworn the brown peanut just vented. Where'd he go? Uh-oh. Scuba-dee. Okay, I'm gonna fix these lights. Boom, boom, boom. And the brown peanut most definitely just killed somebody. He's on vitals. Not seeing any dead bodies. Oh, wait. The brown peanut, how did he just get there? He's camping the cameras now? Brown peanut, what you doing? Wait, what? It's Zoe? Are you serious?
Please say someone saw something. Did you see something? I don't know who it is.
It's neither of the peanuts. It's Zoe.
It's Zoe! I'm stressed!
That was a plot twist.
And I was hanging around it the whole time, too.
I'm stressed.
That was a plot twist.
My bad, guys. I tried.
Woo!
I think it's the peanut.
I don't know about that one.
She could have got it away with that one, too.
Oh, man.
Oh, thank goodness you saw that.
Wow, Zoe.
I'm sorry, Cash.
You actually had me fooled.
Oh, I know. I got you good.
Zoe, if you killed him like probably like 8 seconds earlier and then turned invisible, that would have been such a good kill, bruh.
I know. I thought about killing Nico, but at the same time, he was too innocent.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today, I got into debt in the game of life. I literally went negative on my money and everybody made fun of me, so I made it my entire goal to become the richest in the lobby. Then once I started making money, everybody was acting different. So let's see if I could do better than my friends in this game and get first place at the end. It's time to see who's gonna win Game of Life. This is the board we're playing on today, and it's huge. So we're gonna race to the end to see who completes life first.
Oh, let's do it.
Oh, it's gonna be me.
But first, we gotta decide the order of how we play in. Who's going first? Give it to me. I wanna go first.
Yes.
Okay, well,
Let's go.
Shady's first.
Wow.
Zoe's second, Nico's third, and I'm last. And that's gonna be the order for the entire game. Now, is Shady gonna pick the college route or the career route?
Definitely college.
Yeah.
Definitely college. Gotta go college.
You gotta pay 100K, but you can make more later on.
Exactly. Super worth it.
And now you're gonna spin to see how many spaces you go.
Brother, why am I getting such high spins? I don't want high spins.
You got a 9. It's fine, you stop anyways. You gotta go to school, remember?
You getting knowledge.
I know, I was hoping to have at least one childhood memory before college.
And you already got a knowledge point.
Let's go.
Since all of us have 0 skills, you're already taking the lead in knowledge.
That is insane.
I'm the leader, baby. Ooh.
Now, which job are you gonna choose?
Robotics.
Robotics engineer? You get taxed 110K though.
I don't mind. Taxes ain't gonna be affecting me, low-key. Bro, so close.
All right, you got a 5.
And I'm just gonna stop on my salary. Dude, I hate this game, bro. What the? Ah!
You made 120K, that's not bad.
Okay, my turn, and I'm going to college.
Girls go to college to get more knowledge.
Yeah. Wait, how do I do it again? There we go.
Are we all choosing the college route?
I think I'm gonna go career.
Give me that. Aw. This is what I wanted.
Zoe rolled a 3.
She gets to stop. She gets a childhood memory. Look.
That's true, you do get a childhood memory.
Childhood.
Are you gonna get a rare comic book and get 1 wealth, or a bowling duel with someone?
I already know the option. I need the points.
Oh, smart choice.
Oh, nah.
Now she's the crown of wealth.
Thank you.
But her turn's over, so now it's Nico's turn.
Oh, man.
And Nico's gonna choose the college route.
Okay, everyone's paying 100K.
Well, I gotta. Last time I was not doing very well. All right, let's go.
Oh, but he got a 1.
Boom.
Action.
Bruh.
Are you gonna camp under the stars and get a love point, or mow the neighbor's lawn and spin for a good amount of money?
I'm gonna find love.
Okay.
Hopefully one day.
Dude, you did it alone.
You have the most happiness.
You went away. You did it alone.
Now, finally. You know, I said I was gonna go career. I think I'm gonna actually go college, too. I don't want to fall behind.
Wow. Lame.
And now I spin. How many spaces am I gonna go? Oh, 9. Oh, my goodness. Well, at least I gotta go to college and get my job already.
Boys go to college to get more knowledge. Girls go to...
I'm gonna be further ahead.
Ooh. You finna get taxed like me?
No, I think... Yeah, I'm gonna get taxed like you. Robotics engineer.
Yeah. Why in the world would you choose the other option, bruh?
My lucky number's 8. All right, here we go.
What happens if you go bankrupt, bro?
No, not yet.
Let's go. Give me a low number. 3. 3 is good.
Bruh.
1, 2, 3.
Man, y'all get so lucky.
And now I get an action. Camp under the stars or throw a party.
Go bankrupt.
I could use all my money here.
Go bankrupt.
Do it.
All right, let's go bankrupt. Boom. I have no money, but I have 2 hearts.
Oh, why'd you make that decision?
Most happiness. Give me that crown.
You have the most happiness, but $0 to your name, bruh.
I'm broke. I literally is so poor. Oh, nah. 0K?
What are you going to do?
I'm gonna get richer than everyone.
You need your salary, dog.
I know, I have $0.
Spin it.
If I get taxed, I'm cooked. All right, Shady, let's see what you roll. An 8, yes!
Dude, I swear. Bro.
I got money. 50K, I'll take it.
What is this? And I got a high number too. Bro.
Oh, nah, he's speedrunning life. Are you gonna stay single or get married?
Hate this game, bro. Finally.
The goal is to get a lower number so you can get more actions.
Oh my.
And he just got another bonus. He keeps getting the salary ones.
Oh, bro, this is buns. You guys haven't even hit college yet.
My turn! Zoya, Zoya.
Bro.
Oh, yeah, Zoya!
Oh my goodness. All right, what are you gonna do?
Woohoo!
Take out or get a rare comic?
I'll get another rare common.
Nah, she's really building up her wealth right now.
I gotta build it up.
That is not good.
All right, time to spin.
Okay, and you got a 3.
Woo!
Okay, Martin.
Bro, what's up with these dudes? Dude, they're not even gonna go to college, bro.
Yeah, y'all are still behind college. That's crazy.
I want to watch a game stream.
Okay.
Ooh.
Getting his knowledge up. I guess you learn a lot from live streams. Anyways, give me something good. A 10? I get the highest numbers in the world.
Oh my gosh.
It's fine. I'm probably gonna get stopped anyways. Yeah, and I'm gonna get married. I don't want to stay single. I want to up my love a little more. Let's spin it. Give me something low. Give me something low. I'll take a 5.
No.
That's good enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's time for me to get married. I'll be right back, guys. All right, let's go. Whoa!
Oh, Nico.
No, that's not Nico. I did not choose Nico. All right, I get to spin for my wedding gift. I hope I hit black on here because then everyone pays me. Ah. You still have to pay me, you know.
That's just low money.
Don't laugh at me. It's not funny.
Oh, I wonder what would have happened if Zoe took the 100K. She would have been bankrupt, bro.
That is true. And I got a 1, yes.
Oh my gosh.
Give me that action. I want volunteer for a charity or laser tag battle. Yeah, no, I'm not giving y'all free money.
Please.
Ain't no way I'm taking that chance.
Please.
Whatever, dude.
I don't like the competition games. It's just all luck.
Whatever, dude.
And so far, I got 4 hearts. Oh my goodness. Oh my.
All right, let's roll a low number here, guys. Awesome.
7.
I love it. I'm gonna land on a salary.
Oh no.
Oh, fate.
Oh,
I can't wait to get taxed.
fate is like the worst one.
Let's go. Can't wait to get taxed.
Job? All right, are you gonna upgrade your salary or get a new job?
I'm gonna get a new job, bro. I might as well be risky.
No, that was a good salary, bro. That was a good salary.
Now we got a lower salary.
Hate this game, bro. What the heck?
Zoya time! Da, 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 da.
All right, Zoe. Oh, she got a 6.
Oh.
On purple, too.
Oh, nice.
You finally went to college.
Finally, I can get a job.
Can Zoe get a 10 on this round?
No.
Oh, which one are you gonna choose, Zoe?
Let's see.
Which job?
Ooh. I'll do robot engineering. Why not?
I think all of us are robotics engineers. It's just the best job.
Nah, bro, that a competitive field.
Not shady anymore, though.
Yo.
You got something buns. 1, 2, 3.
Bro, what is with y'all's luck?
I'm lucky.
I'm gonna be finished with life.
Would you rather do a kart race or upgrade your computer for 100K? Oh, you don't even have 100K.
I'm kind of low on money.
Yes, I need this, Zoe. I need this. Come on, give me it.
Oh, Zoya's unlucky.
I need the monies.
10, 10, 10, 10. What is that?
Both of y'all got 3s. All right, watch me take over here.
Oh, are you serious?
I'll take an 8.
Bro,
Shady has a 20% chance of beating me.
are you serious?
Oh, yes! Give me that 200.
Hey, at least he got something.
Yeah, give me that 40K.
Oh, thank goodness.
Dude, I just wanted something.
Dude, Cash is rich now.
He got money.
Yes.
All right,
See, I had $0 and y'all were hating on me. Now you guys are switching up.
give me something good.
All right, Nico. He rolled a 6.
6? Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it.
But you got stopped.
Ain't even gonna matter.
All right.
Don't matter.
Knowledge.
You finally got your degree. Now which job are you gonna choose?
What, the buns? All right,
Chef or video game designer?
I'll be chef.
Okay.
He knows I'm boss.
Nice.
4? Okay, I'll take it.
Dude, what is it with these youngsters, bro?
Yes, action card.
These youngsters out here.
All right, or I'm ordering takeout, bruh.
Oh, he's spending 100K on that though.
Ooh, yummy.
You might go bankrupt, bruh.
I might, but I take the chances there.
My turn. Give me a low number. Low number. Aw. At least it's mine.
Bro, you lucky.
I got a bonus. Thank you. All right, 8. Wait, don't get taxed. No!
No.
Ooh.
No, I got taxed. It's okay. I'll bring it back.
Bro, Cash has some money.
Minor setback, but it's good. Okay, I got unlucky on that spin, but I think I'm the furthest ahead now.
All right, let's get a 1 here. Let's get a 1.
Oh, 9. And you gotta pay Nico.
Hey, thank you, bro.
Nah.
Oh, he's mad.
It's okay. You get stopped anyways.
Do you want baby or house?
Oh yeah, just get stopped. Yeah, that's all good. Yeah.
Investment or family?
No, yeah, love it. Yeah, love it.
You don't want the baby?
Love it. Oh yeah, love it. Oh, finally, bro. Oh my God.
And he got taxed. Oh, nah.
At least it's 50K.
Yeah, I had to pay 110.
Bro, what is wrong with this game, bro?
Okay, give it to me. Give it to me. Zoya thing. Da 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 da.
She's gonna get a 1, watch. Oh, a 9.
Oh,
Hey, thank you.
Everyone's paying Nico today.
I didn't want a 9.
That was actually very helpful.
She's gonna go all the way to the stop.
Me.
Are you gonna get married or invest and stay single?
I'll get married.
Okay.
What?
Very interesting.
I don't know who I'll get married to. Ooh, I got 2. I don't think I'm getting married yet.
You're not gonna beat me in love points.
I'm getting money though.
Man, she always getting money.
Alright, give me something good. Ooh, okay, that's a lot. 9. Ooh, I got a bonus.
I swear everyone's landed on Nico's bonus so far.
Ooh, give me that money. Thank you.
What the heck, bro?
How many 9s have we rolled?
Oh, stop. Okay. Okay, I want to get married. Let's roll.
Oh, you're getting married. Okay.
Oh, no. Is that a tax right there?
Bro, you gotta click space.
Oh, wait. Oh, I actually gotta... Oh, what the heck is that, bro?
Nah, he didn't even spin the wheel.
It's fine.
Yes, give me that.
Whatever.
50K, thank you.
8. Oh, man, I'm just skipping the marriage path. Okay, stop.
You gotta choose a partner to get married to now.
It's not the color I want. Okay.
What?
Alright.
Nico and I are both married now.
Yay! I'm happily married, guys.
And you have 4 love points?
Yeah, whatever.
Please land on red here. I don't want to pay you 20K.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, man, it's fine.
Let's go.
Give me that 10K.
Free money.
It's not that bad.
Don't mind if I do.
Whatever, bro. Hope you guys are happy. LOL.
What?
Okay, 7. Oh, man, I'm rolling high numbers now.
Is that a tax? No. I got the tax.
Oh, action card. Let's go.
You lucky boy.
Are you gonna get surf lessons or learn editing?
I'm gonna surf lessons, bro.
Okay.
There you go.
Man, he's grinding knowledge. Now he's the king of it.
Take it.
Are you cereal, bro?
He took the crown.
Are you cereal bar?
I hate this game, bro.
Well, it's okay. I'm just racking up my money, so it's fine if I'm behind on attributes. Boom. Give me something good. 7. Is that good? Oh, I get stopped. All right. I can either invest in my future to get more piggy banks or grow my family. I want to grow my family. Yeah. More hearts. Oh, a 10? Bro.
That's not good because you skip as many actions.
I know, but at least I get to have a baby.
Wow, that's good.
Yes. Give me the puppies. Thank you very much.
I'm having a dog family.
I'm having a dog family too, and I got another heart for that. Let's go. Car upgrade.
Yeah, and you got a new car, and I'm just on my trash moped, bro.
What?
Hate this game, bro.
All right, now it's Shady's turn.
Yeah, just give me a 10, bro. Yeah, all right.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, nah, that's cool.
This is what happened to me last time, though.
Nah, it's all good. Yeah, nah, it's all good.
Wow, he's skipping all of the action cards.
Continue life?
Pay 100K to get an online course or continue life.
I'm just gonna continue life, bro. I don't even care anymore.
I feel like I'd do the same thing.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, nah, just give me an 8. Just give me an 8 and have me pay money. Yeah, that's cool.
Oh yes, more money.
I don't even think I've gotten a number below 5 this game, bro.
It's okay. It's okay.
Nah, yeah, it's all good. Yeah, it's funny. It's funny. Yeah.
At least you got on the action.
Oh yeah, at least. Yeah, look at this. What am I supposed to do?
Get married?
Heck no, I ain't doing that.
You don't want to get married?
No, bro, I'm lonely. I got a moped.
Okay.
That's kind of sad.
Zaya time! Give me something. Give me something. Yeah.
Oh, you got a 5.
No, I don't want to pay Shady.
Finally, bro, someone landed on my thing, bro. God.
Are you gonna get married?
Dude, she just got married?
Boop.
Yeah.
Peppa.
He's always pretty far behind.
Oh.
Who is that?
That's my favorite color.
Now that you're married, I think you get a car upgrade, Zoe.
Do I? I want a better car.
Yeah, and we have to give you a wedding gift.
Okay, let's see.
Dude, if Zoe lands on black, this is like...
Give me black.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah!
What? I have to pay you?
Pay to win.
Yeah, whatever.
Pay to win. It's fine.
Whatever. Hope y'all are happy.
Give me something low. There we go.
A 6? I'm not sure if that's good.
Money.
Yeah, you just land there.
That's okay.
That's pretty good, actually. 120K is solid.
I prefer the actions.
That's better than taxes.
Yep, that's good. Solid.
A 6?
I stop anyways, no point.
Now you can invest in your future or grow your family.
I'm gonna invest.
Okay, smart move, smart move.
See what's going on here. 4. Oh gosh, is that a tax? Oh no, it's a tax right there.
That is definitely... Oh, another action.
What? Action?
Audiobook or board game battle?
Now I wanna listen to an audiobook.
Oh, he racking up the attributes.
Oh yeah.
He's got the most in the game right now.
Grind those skills.
All right, it's my turn. Yeah. Give me something low. Give me something low. I'll take a 4. Ooh, okay. Thank goodness I dodged the tax again. Now, I think I don't want to pay an online course. I think I'm just going to continue life. Let's go. Run it.
Roll a 5.
Oh.
Oh, no. I got a 9. Are you serious? Bruh. All right, fine. Maybe I'll get something good. What's on the 9 spot?
You're gonna get a house. Oh my gosh, I wanted a house.
Yes! I could get a house. Oh, this is so lucky. All right.
I wanted a house, dude.
I'm buying it, and I'm getting 2 wealth points from it. And I'm going to get this one. Oh, my goodness.
That one looks bougie.
Give me that house. I'm rich now. Yes. And now I have 2 piggy banks, but I gotta pay a lot of money. It's fine.
Dude, I'm so behind.
We'll make it back on our investment.
Yeah, nah, it's chill. I'm gonna just roll a 10 real quick.
Okay.
Oh, finally, a low number. Let's go. Is that a house? Is that a house, please? Yes.
What?
Oh my gosh, let's go, Shady.
Shady's also getting a house.
Yeah, I want to have a house. I want to get, please, get.
Nah! Yo, he got the buns houses. He got the buns huts. And the max sell price is 500K.
That one's on the beach, though.
Shut up, Zoe.
My max sell price was literally $1 million.
It's Zoya time.
Bro, that was my turn.
Yay!
Zoe landed on her own number.
Is there a way to like get off my moped and just go jump into the ocean?
No taxes.
Okay, are you gonna learn video editing or get a gigantic TV?
Gigantic TV.
Okay.
I'm gonna get an 85 inch.
How is that 2 investment points, bruh?
I have no idea.
A TV finna be outdated in 2 years.
No, it's not.
They finna have 12K by then.
Come on, come on, come on. Yes. No, no, no. How am I gonna get a house with only 440K, dude?
It's okay, you got it back.
Hey, never mind. Zoe.
All right, now it's my turn. Let's spin the wheel.
Bro.
I got a 3. I like that.
Bro, another house?
Oh my goodness, can I get 2 houses right now?
Another one? Stop him.
Yes, let's buy. Let's buy another. Oh my goodness, luxury apartment. Thank you.
Wait, how? Wait, what? Wait.
Wait, what? You going into debt?
Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna go broke again. Let's see.
You in debt?
Oh.
What happens if I go below 0?
Oh, you only have to repay it at the end.
The bank will give you a loan for each 50K. If you don't repay them, every loan you collect will decrease your score.
Well, that's not good.
Dang, bro.
Okay, so I just need to pay off the loans from the bank. I'll take the loan, thank you.
It's like real life.
Now I owe 50K.
Oh, you need another loan, brother.
I need 2 loans. I got 2 loans to pay off. I am in debt, but maybe once I sell my houses, then I'm gonna be rich.
Nah, yeah, it's all good. You know what? Because your boy about to turn up right here.
Ooh.
Okay.
Yay!
Okay, I like that.
That's solid. Oh.
You stop anyway.
Risky or safe? Which path do you choose?
You gotta play risky, Shady.
Bro, honestly, yeah. But I'm gonna play safe, TBH, whatever.
Okay, he went safe.
Give me a 1, baby. Give me 1. Yes. I don't even care anymore, bro.
Give me the money.
Zoe's racking up.
Have my money, bro. I'm so excited.
Oh, nah. He landed on a salary.
Well, it's my turn. Yay!
Okay, Zoe.
Thank you.
She's getting higher numbers now, but she gets stopped.
Do-do-do. Now, do I want a house or do I want baby? I'm gonna go baby.
I thought you were gonna have a dog family.
I'm gonna have a dog family for sure.
Oh, okay.
Yeah!
And you got an action. Yo.
Dude, like, she's just racking up.
Da, 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 da.
Oh, you can get 2 love points right here.
Give me that.
Oh my goodness.
Road trip.
Oh my gosh, dude. Is Zoe gonna win this?
She might win this actually.
Yeah.
Come on, give it to me.
She's getting a lot of good things right here.
Alright.
A 5, and you gotta pay Shady 50K.
Alright, I don't mind giving it to Shady. I feel bad for Shady.
I'm literally in debt.
Alright, and I just don't even get a house, bro. Like, what is that?
Nah.
Hey, you could take the love points.
But you can get more love.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
No.
The crown.
I take your happiness.
He has 2 crowns. He stole it. Why you steal?
Give me that.
But you gotta pay 100K. You're running low on money.
That's chill.
All right, give me something low. Give me a low number, please. Please. Yes, a 3. Oh, never mind. Yeah. Okay. I am not playing risky. I don't like the risky path. Too many of those. I'm gonna go safe. Yeah.
Well, that's fine.
Low number 7. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna complete life so quick. 7. What is that? Action? Thank you. Give me a good action, please. Sell your houses or play the lottery.
You might as well play it. Play it. Why not?
You might as well sell your houses.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna sell my houses.
You have more attempts.
All right, I think I'm gonna sell the eco house. Now I have 6 offers, all hidden inside an envelope. Open an envelope to reveal the offer, and if I like it, I can sell my house.
That bottom middle one is definitely 100K.
Yeah.
I have 3 attempts. Okay, let's do the bottom middle one then first. 657. I don't want to take that.
Nah.
Top left got me feeling some type of way.
I'm gonna just do the bottom 3.
Ooh.
I don't like that.
Yes!
What?
Oh my goodness! I got the max price.
No way.
I got the max win.
How?
I needed it.
I need it back.
I needed it.
Dude got money.
I can finally pay off my loans.
Yeah, dude, that's super cool. I'm happy for you, bro. Super cool. Oh, awesome. I think my life is over here.
Yeah, he's about to complete life.
Did you finish life?
He's almost at the finish line.
Oh, yes, an action. Hooray. Oh,
Wait.
oh, cool.
Get married a second chance?
He could actually get 2 love points here.
Cool, I guess.
Play bingo.
Oh, nah. I am so behind on attributes.
Oh, yeah.
That's awesome, dude.
As long as I have the most money, though.
My turn.
Oh, you gotta pay me. Sorry, Zoe.
Wait. I want a dog. Let me have a dog.
Oh, too late. You skipped past all of the kids and dogs.
No dog. I'm just sad now. Take a heart.
Nah.
Start a band.
Everyone's competing for the love.
Ain't no one playing for a contest. All right, let's see this real quick.
Okay.
7. Okay, I think I stop here anyways, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Are you gonna go online course or continue life?
We go online course.
Oh my goodness, how are you guys so far back?
Dang, we are far behind. What the heck?
Holy moly.
You guys are all the way at the end already. It's crazy.
You can become a brain surgeon?
Ooh, brain surgeon. Okay.
That's a lot of money. And your lucky number's 1.
Dude, he got 1.
If you land on it, oh, you landed on 4.
Dude, okay, we are far behind. We need to. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, Martin.
Why did I become a brain surgeon?
It's okay, I have to pay 110K in taxes.
I like the title of brain surgeon.
Brain surgeon.
It makes a lot of money. Let's see what I get. An 8? Okay, I'll take it.
Oh, your life is over, dude.
Yeah, my life's definitely over, but it's fine.
It's over, but he got money.
Yeah, I got money. Boom. Okay, I'm the first to reach retirement, which means I get 250K. Oh my goodness.
Dude, he's a millionaire.
And now I can quick sell my houses. All right, how much do I want to sell this apartment for? I'm gonna go
How do you have so much money?
bottom left. No, that's buns. Wait, I can't choose?
Oh.
Nah.
I have $2 million though. Now do I want to keep spending for more money?
Hey, I mean, you profited, so whatever. You just get the money back.
Do I want to potentially take Nico's crown? I want to take Nico's crown and get love.
Oh.
Please roll black. Please roll black. Yes!
Oh, finally.
Oh no.
No love though.
Yo.
It's okay. I can take the wealth. I can take the wealth crown. It'll do for now. I just need to get love next. Steal that from Nico.
Dude, really? You stole that from me?
Yeah.
One thing I had.
I have $2 million and I'm gonna have 2 crowns.
Nah, that's super lit, bro. Super excited for you.
Let's see. Is Shady gonna finish life right here?
I'm trying the Nico strategy.
No.
Oh, rolled an 8. Let's go.
I don't know if that's the Nico strat.
Bro,
He rolls a 2.
Give me money.
am I about to get taxed, bro? Am I about to get taxed?
Wait, let's see.
Oh my god!
Oh, nah.
Oh yeah, no, chill.
Give me goods.
Zoe got a 6?
It don't matter.
Oh, no, it doesn't matter.
Oh, I had to stop anyway.
It's not enough.
Okay, I am looking for that cat, so I'm going over here.
Okay.
Gimme.
And you got a 10. Finally.
No!
Finally, she got a high number. Oh my goodness.
I never heard Zoe scream like that.
You gotta go fate, Zoe. You better hope you don't get taxed.
Give me the dog, please. I just want the dog.
Oh, you still got action. Wow.
Oh!
No. Oh, she can still love.
Give me that.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, she didn't steal it yet, though. He's still the king.
Yeah, technically, he still has a crown.
No, I'm taking it.
You gotta pass him. You can't just tie him.
I'm taking it.
Oh, what is that?
5.
Yes, give me that money, baby.
What is that? I'm broke. I'm literally broke.
Yeah, 5 is low-key buns.
Okay, give me an action. Give me an action.
Oh no. Oh no.
Give him a bad action.
Yes.
Oh.
Boom.
Do I secure the, Yeah, we secure it. The other one's luck.
Nah, that's boring.
I don't know if you have it secured. I wouldn't say that, because now I can roll. And as long as I hit black...
Yo, you are 5 away from me, dog.
No!
He definitely has it secured. Bro got a 1.
You don't have love secured. Next time I spin, I'm gonna get that back.
Oh my god. I cannot wait to roll a 700. Bro! This is so buns, dude.
Oh, GG's.
Oh yeah, he's done.
Ugh.
You got retirement.
You got 200K.
Tired of this game, bro.
Dude, let's play it again.
Oh, wow.
Now you can sell your house. What you gonna sell it for?
Max price, top right.
Okay, let's see.
284?
That is buns.
Yeah, he only got 64K off that. But at least you hit a mill.
Bro, is it even worth it? Bro, like, what? What should I even... Nah, whatever. I'll just go for it.
He's spinning for attributes.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
It only is if you hit black though.
Let's see.
All right.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Go ahead and log out for me.
Oh no.
Okay, it's Zoya turn.
Okay, I guess these turns are gonna go a lot faster now.
I think Zoe's getting close to the end.
Ooh. go. Do.
You got stopped. Are you gonna play risky or safe?
Yo, she's all the way back there.
Risky or safe? Let's do risky. No one else did risky.
I don't like the risky one.
Why? I don't want to pass it.
Oh, she just skipped over the entire thing.
Yeah, you just skip past the risky path.
I wanted to go through it all, bro.
And you got an action at the end.
They hate me.
Are you serious?
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Do I...
Board game battle or play the lottery?
Board game battle.
Board game battle, fine.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, now we want high numbers.
Come on, give me something good. Oh.
Zoe got a 5.
I need this bad.
Nico got a...
Oh, give it to him.
How did you... You cheated on that! I saw you roll it!
Oh, okay, well, you know what? Maybe second. Maybe I can get second.
Oh, shady.
I think it's secured. And Shady's rolling. He got an 8. I'll take 80K.
Guys, the silence is deadly.
The silence is deadly.
Now I'm at 2.1 mil. Holy moly.
I got 10K.
Dude, how are you so rich?
Because remember when I was in debt and y'all was hating on me?
His name's Cash.
Come on. Wow.
No.
And I got my bonus.
I got my money up after that.
I didn't even move, bruh.
Oh, nah.
Ooh. Do I start competing?
I'm not even worried.
You might as well.
It's gonna take a while.
Nah, you could get that.
You think I get that? Yeah, I got that.
Okay.
I got that.
I gotta steal that love crown from him before he finishes his turn.
No, I gotta take that.
Please, please hit black.
No.
Please hit black.
No.
Please.
No.
No! Are you kidding me, bruh?
Next round.
It's all a 50-50 chance in the end.
Yeah, super excited, guys.
Oh.
Give me that red. Oh, hooray. Let's go.
Yay!
Let's go.
Something to be excited for. Nothing to smile about in my life.
Oh, nah.
Why is Shady so sad?
I don't know. All right, Zoe, it's your turn, though.
Give me that.
You got your own number.
Dude, what the heck?
Give me that.
Oh, but you landed on salary.
And give me my salary.
That's not as good as action.
Okay, she racking up the money. She racking up the money.
Dude, I'm broke compared to these guys.
Okay, 8, not bad. I think I'm stopping here though.
No, he's cheating.
What do you mean?
He's moving it.
No, I'm not. You can't cheat on it.
Yeah, there's no cheating on the wheel.
Yeah, you can.
Oh man.
I hope you get that.
Oh, but you gotta pay Zoe again.
Yes, money.
Bruh, okay, I'm about to lose all my money on risky.
Uh-oh, Martin. Ooh, fate.
No, 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 no.
No!
All right, I'll take it.
Dude.
I was hoping you would get taxed.
The bank is giving me a bonus. Okay, give me back that money, Zoe.
No.
Okay, please give me black. Please. No!
Close one,
It's literally right on the edge.
but shy of black.
Very shy of it. I think I can have a couple more spins before you make it. Now Shady gets to spin again.
Please, Daddy, please.
For attributes.
Daddy. Oh my God.
We have been getting so unlucky with these. We're literally getting the no 50-50s.
Okay, let's see.
All right, Zoe, please roll a high number. Yes!
No.
6. Okay.
She gonna complete life.
Oh wow, she completed it.
But your choice is now if you're gonna roll for attributes or roll for money.
Definitely roll for attributes, Zoe. It's not even worth it to roll for money. It doesn't even do nothing.
You can pass Nico in love.
Yeah, true.
No, 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 no.
She's gonna take all the luck.
No, and Zoe, she's just gonna take all of it.
Yeah,
Give me.
She's gonna spin black.
she probably is just gonna catch up.
Hey!
Oh my goodness.
You so lucky, man.
Wait, no. She got a piggy bank.
We won because of you, man. You the MVP.
I can't let Zoe pass me.
Oh man, it's over.
Finally, Nico got a 10.
Are you gonna pay taxes?
Oh, you about to land on a tax?
This is, oh man.
Oh my god.
All right, just pay it.
Okay, Martin.
Oh my god.
That was buns.
Yes, I get one more chance at it. Please give me black. Please. No. No. What is this? I rolled 4 nuttings.
Hey, just wait. I'm gonna take a crack at it.
Why?
I need one more.
Let me take a crack at it, guys.
Dude, I just need one more.
Let me take a crack at it.
Oh.
You got it, Shady. You got it. You got it.
Ooh.
Oh, nah. Not even a single one. And of course, Zoe rolls the black.
And it's Zoya time.
I swear, if you roll another one, I'm gonna be so sad.
Like, yes!
Dude, are you kidding me?
All right, and she got the love point. GG's. I'm like,
Yeah.
I try so hard. I try so hard.
As long as she takes it from Nico. I don't want her to take in my wealth point.
Give me that wealth point.
I swear, if Nico gets a 1 here. Oh.
Oh.
Ain't no way.
How?
Ain't no way.
Give me that action.
Nico might win here on the last turn.
Give me the love.
No.
No. What is that?
You sacrifice 100K?
I have to do it. I have to get my attributes for the points at the end.
This is actually really close. I'm not sure who won.
I don't know. Bro's got so much money, though.
But I get one more chance. Please. Please. cross. Okay, really?
Dude, I just need one more and I could take that crown.
No, I swear, Zoe.
Yo, are you gonna pay off your debt or whatever that is, bro?
I don't know how.
Please.
All right, well, I'm just gonna get this little black thing right here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh yeah.
We have rolled nothings every single time.
Just beat me while I'm down, bro.
If Zoe gets it again, this game's rigged. This game's actually rigged.
Let me have it. Let me have it.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? No!
Give me that.
No!
Zoe just turned the game around with her luck, bruh.
No! She's gonna win off of that. I thought I had a chance until she took my crown.
Zaya.
Please.
Dude, I don't know, Cash. You have a lot of money, so.
Yeah, but no crowns. Zoe has 2 crowns. It's gonna make her pass us so hard.
Then I gotta spin for the attributes.
Nah, stay away from my point.
Give me. Oh, what is that? What is that?
Dude, I've literally gotten 6 nothings in a row, okay?
I've gotten it every time. This is good.
And now it's time to see who wins.
All right, yeah, 3rd place for me. GG's.
Me, Shady, Zoe, Nico.
Hold the money.
Let's see.
Incoming 4th place for your boy.
Come on. I got the most money. Oh my goodness, I'm racking up money right now.
Bro has... Dang!
But wait, for the attributes, I think Zoe might win off this.
I don't know. We'll see.
Because she has 2 crowns.
You might win.
Please.
Come on. Oh, I'm last place. I knew it.
Okay. Who's holding the bonus crowns? Zoe got 2 of them.
Me.
Oh my, yeah.
Yes! I think I secured it.
Total loans? Oh.
Oh wait, but I have 2 loans. Oh god. Ow.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh, I just barely won.
Oh.
That scared me so bad.
Wow.
Oh, thank goodness.
Dude, how does Cash always win?
Because I didn't go.
He's goaded.
He didn't win the first one. Just saying. I got lucky there.
That's true.
I don't remember.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe!
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today, we went ghost hunting at 3 a.m. And these ghosts get a lot harder the further you get in the game. So our goal is to figure out what we're dealing with and then make it back to the truck. Alright, tonight we're ghost hunters and we got a house that we need to discover the ghost in.
Let's.
Apparently their name is Heather Gacy and they respond to everyone. If we can detect them with a parabolic microphone and get a photo, then we'll get extra money too.
Let's go, dude. I'm hyped.
All right.
Okay, hold on, wait up for me. I didn't get my stuff yet.
I gotta grab all the items. I'm gonna grab
Let me get a flashlight.
Grab the camera if you can, Nico. Yeah.
Alright,
the camera so I can catch this ghost live.
Shady, the fuse box is in the attic to the right.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you when there's activity. When we find the ghost, I'll come in.
Okay, sounds good.
Cash, you got temps?
I got temps.
I got a 2.
Okay, what'd you say? Where'd you say the fuse box was? Sorry.
It was upstairs. Here, I'll go to it. Should be up here to the right.
Sorry, I was AFK. I was away from keyboard.
I know what AFK means.
Okay, keep going, Cash.
What?
And then go left.
I know where the fuse box is. Okay, why is she laughing at me?
That wasn't me. That was the ghost. That was Heather.
Okay. Heather Gacy, are you somewhere over here?
I got the bone evidence.
Oh, already? Holy smokes.
Heather Gacy, hello.
There's literally a spinal cord on the floor.
Ew.
Nasty.
Okay, I'm checking temps.
Didn't mark anything off, though.
Did you take a photo of it?
Yeah, he did.
Okay, Martin. Let's see.
You know I gotta get us those extra points.
I'm gonna check if temps drop in this bathroom upstairs. I'm kind of sus of it.
Hello, Heather Gacy, hello. Can you hear me?
Oh, yeah, the parabolic microphone. That thing's goated. You can hear where the ghost is. Nico, let me try it after you're done with it.
Level 2.
I don't got the parabolic microphone.
Oh, wait, that was Shady.
That's me, twin. You know I always keep it tucked.
True. There's one more in the truck.
What's so funny?
Nothing. I don't even know why I'm laughing. Maybe I should stop.
That's crazy, because Mia laughs at everything I say. Now you understand how it feels.
Nico, are you hurt?
I think it's because you're embarrassing and I'm actually a funny guy.
Well, I just woke up.
I'm not seeing any temperature drops. I see a satanic ritual on the floor, though. I don't like that.
Level 1.
We gotta see if there's a Ouija board around here.
That would be bussin', not gonna lie.
Level 1?
Okay, temperatures aren't really dropping anywhere upstairs.
Must not be upstairs.
Yeah, I think it's downstairs. Why are you still laughing? What is so funny?
Nothing.
Good pointer, Mia. How about you come inside and help us?
No, we have to find it. I have to tell you if there's activity.
No, let's trap Mia in the ghost room when we find it.
No, stop.
Yeah, that'd be funny.
That's just evil.
Thank you, girly pop.
You are welcome.
That'd be so funny.
Okay, it might be in this back room like it was last time. I'm pretty sure this is where the ghost was.
Oh, that little garage area?
Level 5.
Wait, I swear I hear stuff moving in the kitchen. Am I tripping?
I thought I heard something whispering. I don't know, though. Heather Gacy?
Oh.
Where are they? Hello?
Temperatures are rising here, so it's not here. This is a creepy looking room. I don't like this. That painting on the wall.
You know, I prefer prefer just to look through this small little camera. Less scary.
Okay. Temperatures are still not dropping here. What? Let me try the EMF reader.
I haven't seen a single ghost orb.
Okay.
I'm not hearing anything either.
Let's check back over here. This is where the activity went to a 5. It was when I was in this room. Any activity?
Nothing.
Heather Gacy, are you here with us?
Heather Gacy?
Temps are still normal. I'm pretty sure temps are dropping right around here. This is right next to the entrance, though.
But there's no activity.
Yeah.
It's just flat.
Temps are most definitely going down. I'm starting to see my breath.
It might be upstairs.
No, definitely not upstairs. I would say it's on the bottom floor somewhere.
Could be in the kitchen.
I think it's where I'm at.
The dining room.
Yeah, the temps are dropping here.
The spine is around here, so.
Oh, nah.
Heather Gacy. I can see my breath too.
Yeah, she's about to start playing the piano. Temps are starting to drop a lot.
Hello? Hello, Gacy?
It's going down below 40.
Heather Gacy?
This has got to be the room.
I'm not seeing a ghost orb or anything.
I don't see any ghost orbs, but there's potential.
I'll let you know if we get freezing temps. Okay, the piano, that is scaring me.
Well, I gotta let her know we're here. We're like ready to go. Like, come on.
No activity.
Hello? Anyone in here?
Doesn't look like temperatures want to drop right there. I'll get the EMF reader and just place it down. Let me get some more stuff from the truck.
Heather!
I think I'm gonna grab a DOTS projector and a UV light.
Did you do that, Nico?
Yeah, I did.
You shut off the light?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
DOTS projector. Actually, you know what? I'll get a spirit box.
Did anybody throw this plate?
I did not.
None of y'all threw the plate on the ground over here?
No.
No, sir.
Okay.
All right, spirit box.
No capping.
Oh.
Level 4.
Let's see if you got something to say. Heather Gacy,
I heard her. She breathed. She breathed like over here.
can you show us a sign?
Okay, well, if she is here, then the camera isn't doing anything.
Heather Gacy, can you show us a sign? Are you here with us?
Mia, did it check off on the thing?
Nothing is checked off.
What?
Is there anybody here? Heather Gacy.
Cash, you got thoughts?
I do.
Okay, I'll get what should I get?
Let me test it. Get a UV light
Heather Gacy?
and a spirit book. Nothing on the dots so far.
Yeah, not the spirit book.
The writing book?
Yeah, the writing book, yeah.
Heather Gacy, can you show us a sign? What did I just hear? Heather Gacy?
Coming with the camera first.
Yo, chill. Temperatures are dropping a lot. I think we might get freezing in a second. Oh, never mind. It's going back up.
I'm gonna plop a camera real quick, and then I'll get the UV light.
Nothing on the EMF reader. It has got to be in this room. Heather Gacy, can you show us a sign?
There's just no activity there.
All right, your boy's coming in with the UV light.
Okay, Martin.
Have you seen anything on dots yet?
Not yet. Yeah, she's not showing up on here. Usually you could see a figure of the ghost on the dots projector.
Heather Gacy.
Yeah, I'm not seeing anything.
Temperatures are freezing.
Freezing temps?
Freezing temps.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's mark that off.
that's one.
There we go. I'm gonna go see if there's anything else I can grab from the truck.
You guys just leave me alone here and then see if she comes.
Okay.
Okay, I'm watching.
Okay, so we got freezing temps. Did you get the writing book, Nico?
Oh no, I didn't. Gotta grab it.
All right, I'll get it, and then I will get another video camera, and I'll place it down so Mia can see. All right, any ghost orbs?
Let's shut the door.
The activity looking like Mia.
Yeah, close the door.
I can't tell if there's any ghost orbs because it's like the angle.
Okay, I'll put one right here, Mia.
Okay.
I gotta go to spot for the camera. Boom. Let me know if that works.
If it's not dancing, it's not a ghost orb.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna put the spirit book right here in the middle. We'll see if it wants to use that.
Okay.
Heather Gacy, are you here with us? Can you show us a sign? What else can I say to get her attention?
Are you mean? Maybe?
Are you nice? Are you mean?
Are you evil? You gotta ask it.
Are you evil? Heather Gacy, are you evil?
No comment. Okay.
Are we sure that's the room?
Yeah, this is where we got freezing temps. It's literally -5 here. Oh my goodness. It's getting low. Oh, EMFs went up a little bit. It kind of went up to 3 for a second.
Oh, she's taking its sweet time.
Heather Gacy, you mad? You mad or what?
What do you want? Why are you here? Shall we leave?
I'm gonna go look on the cams. Maybe leaving somebody alone here will help. Oh, ask it to do things.
Turn on the light. Turn on the light.
Do you have the parabolic microphone out?
Yeah, I do.
Maybe you have to hold it.
What do you mean?
Turn on the light. Open the door.
Open your.
Bro, I have a feeling this is like a shade, bro. They're like really shy. Like, this dude hasn't done anything.
Yeah, true. I'm gonna go look on the video cameras.
I feel like it's a shade, bro. Should we leave and like let it write?
Wait.
Ghost write?
Yeah, leave one person in there. The activity's at 0.
Where's the ghost writing at? Is the place down? Oh, okay.
I saw the ghost for a second.
All right, everybody, let's leave Mia. All right, I guess we're leaving Mia in here. All right, have fun.
Okay, Mia, good luck.
Oh, I hear it.
What?
Oh, stop trying to scare me.
No, did it check off the parabolic microphone?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, but I don't like that. I don't think we should leave me in here. Wait!
All right, well, have fun in here.
Activity's still at 0.
No, stay in there with it. Stay in there with it. See what happens.
I think the ghost orbs only show up when they start hunting.
Hopefully it writes on the book.
Activity is 0.
Go into the kitchen, Mia.
Okay.
Yeah, that it probably moved.
Yeah, it could be in the kitchen. That's where it was pointed toward.
True.
My microphone was pointed.
Oh, activity's up at 4.
Oh, yeah, it's in the kitchen.
Oh, it's 10.
Activity 10. It's hunting, probably.
Activity 10.
Oh, she running. She running.
Oh, I see it on the camera. It's in the dining room. Oh my goodness. It's like bent over and stuff. It's weird looking.
Let me see.
I think we need to set the cameras
She's still alive?
in a better position. It's still at activity 10.
I'm alive for now.
Gosh, wait for it to drop.
Okay, definitely being in there alone helps.
For sure, but it moved to the kitchen.
Are you sure?
I guess that's all like one room. Yeah, because whenever she entered in there,
True, but it spawned in the dining room.
it went off.
Heather Gacy. Dun, 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 dun. Heather Gacy. Dun, 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 dun. Heather Gacy.
Let's expand the search. Widen the search.
I'm looking for handprints or anything. Doesn't look like there's any in here.
Oh, nah.
No UV yet.
Mia, was it hunting you?
Yeah, it was hunting me. I got away.
Wait,
Let's turn off the lights in here.
evidence. What is that?
You talking about the spine, bro? Took a photo of that at the beginning of the game.
Well, yeah, I need that.
No, you don't. It goes on everybody's.
Oh, actually?
Yeah, see, you took a photo twice, and now it just filled up our slot.
My fault.
Okay, no UV handprints.
Yeah, nothing.
Show us your presence.
Let's see if the EMF reader wants to go off in the kitchen instead. If it moved,
I'm scared.
then it's definitely over here somewhere. Heather Gacy, are you in here? Oh, EMF's tweaking.
Uh-oh, someone's gonna die.
Is she hunting?
Ooh.
Wow.
I think Nico died.
Nico's dead.
Yeah, Nico's dying. Well, get me out of here, please.
What else? What else do we do? What else do we do?
Doesn't look like it went to EMF 5 yet. We already got freezing temps
Where'd he die at?
in the dining room.
All right. What is this thingy on the wall right here? There's 4 of them. We haven't used them.
The motion sensors.
Okay.
We could place those down.
What else is there, like, for the person to use?
Any ghost orbs? Oh, I saw it. It's in the dining room. I think it might be hunting Shady right now.
Oh, no. Okay, he's good at hiding, so that should be okay.
Okay. It's not giving us anything to work with.
Well, okay, if EMF's not going above 5 and we're not seeing any ghost orbs, that leaves Demon, Mimic, and Moroi.
I'm gonna check again for UVs in here.
And if it doesn't ghost right, then it's gotta be a Mimic.
No UVs anywhere.
Okay, anything you want to check last and finally?
I don't know.
Because if we do, we need to bring a crucifix so we live.
Did the EMF ever go to 5?
No, hasn't gone to 5 yet.
Mm-mm.
It only goes up to 3 when it's tweaking. And there's no UV light anywhere.
Check this light switch right here.
Yeah, not on there.
Nope, no ghost riding. It's gotta be a Mimic.
Let's see. Mimic. Spirit box. UV. Freezing temps. Can you show us a sign? Scream. Can you speak? Make a noise.
I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Oh, great.
Oh, brother, I may be dead here.
I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Oh, I saved your life!
Oh, Mia died.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Well, this isn't good.
Oh my gosh, she did. Button. Well,
Bro.
we got no evidence.
So we literally have nothing else?
Nope.
This thing is crazy, bro.
Check one last time for ghost orbs. Yeah, no, there's no way there's any ghost orbs. Unless that stuff on the window is a ghost orb. That's not what it usually looks like, though. Like, look, what is that stuff on the window? You see the camera?
Yeah, that's not a ghost orb, though. So we don't think it's Dot's projector at all. What about UV light?
I didn't see anything with the UV.
Okay, what do you have in your inventory?
UV light, EMF, and spirit box.
Okay, where's your flashlight?
I left it in the dining room.
Inside. Okay, take some salt.
All right.
There's probably another flashlight in there somewhere, so I'll take one too. Like the door's about to shut.
Yeah.
All right, and then just put salt everywhere,
Okay.
like in the door frames and stuff. Bro, it still hadn't burned this crucifix.
Can we walk in the salt?
No.
Okay. I'll check here for UVs. I might die in here, though. Still nothing on the light switch.
Did any of us like throw these plates on the floor?
I threw one.
Okay.
If it starts hunting, I'm gonna check the EMF.
Okay. You should just leave it on like in this area.
Okay.
Because that's how I like figured out that one ghost. You can drop the salt, by the way. You don't need it. Oh, there we go. Okay.
Okay, burn to the crucifix.
Where's Mia's body at? Disturbed salt. There we go.
Boy is walking towards me.
Oh, it just shut the door, I think.
It's most definitely in the kitchen.
It did something in here. All right, let's get out.
Yeah, we might just have to make a guess here. Unless it was on the dots right there. We could check one last time.
Yeah, I mean, we got keep one person at least alive.
Okay. Yo, why is the phone ringing? That is terrifying.
It is. Wait, check the book. Has the book gone off at all?
Oh, I might be dead. I might be dead.
Just hide behind the stairs. It's the best spot. Still alive?
Yeah.
All right. Activity of 3. Do you see it on the dots?
Not yet.
All right, I'm coming in with you.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm so dead. Bro. Oh, man.
So which ones are we feeling? Yuri or Oni?
So we know it's not Ghost Orb.
We could just say Oni. That's what I'll pick.
Yeah, that's pretty solid.
Let's do it.
Y'all could choose other ones if you want.
I'm going full force Oni. YOLO.
Lock it in.
All right, let's see what it was. That one was really hard. It was a shade.
Oh, I was right.
You said that at the beginning.
Yeah.
Wow.
Dude, because it was shy, bro.
The shy ghosts are so hard.
That was difficult.
Should have just went with the gut, bruh.
True.
Dude, you got it right off the get-go.
I'm so tired of dying, bro.
Okay, this time its name is Robert Straffen, and the fuse box looks like it's in the basement.
Okay, so there's a cursed object on this one.
All right, someone grab a photo camera.
Oh, no.
What is a cursed object, King?
It's like the board thingy.
It'll be an Ouija board or a music box or something like that. I'm assuming a music box.
I'm gonna use the parabolic microphone to see if I can hear anything.
Yeah, that's like the best thing to use.
All right, I'm listening. Let's see. Any suspicious sounds? Yo, is that you?
Yeah, did anybody do that?
I see activity level 4.
Did you play that piano?
I didn't.
It's right here.
Are we the only ones in the house?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me take a photo of it. I think it counts as an interaction.
It's maintaining level 4. Oh, level 5.
What was that?
Oh, let me check the temps. Temps are dropping.
It's a level 1 right now. I think it dropped when a lot of people entered the room, but I don't know.
Okay, let's find the cursed object.
Okay.
Hopefully, it'd be fun if it was an Ouija board.
Yeah, true.
Oh, EMF.
Oh.
Sounds like a 3.
3.
Who has the EMF? Oh, it's Mia.
Mia.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with
Mia, I think you're muted.
Oh, my cheese. Yes, I have the EMF.
Oh, come upstairs. Come upstairs. It's the music box.
Oh, okay.
Mia, wanna swap?
Yeah.
I got my camera out if you wanna watch.
Julio.
Okay, how do we...
Wait, 5. I just got 5.
You got EMF 5?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, bet. Okay.
It's in this hallway.
Here, you have the microphone, right, Cash?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, where do we want to do it? We need to, like, find the room first
It's downstairs.
before we use it.
Okay, it's messing with my flashlight down here. Oh, shoot.
Oh, it's hunting.
Let me know if it turns on. Oh, gosh.
Run out the door. I'm free.
Oh my gosh.
It does not like me. I was standing outside the storage closet.
The world?
That was fast. So what's a fast one?
It is a very fast one.
Oh my god, what is that?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I'm dead already!
Yo, that scared me.
Oh,
Holy smokes.
That was terrifying.
this guy's dangerous.
I think it might be in the bathroom.
Oh my goodness.
Bro.
Wow.
What's his name?
Something Robert something?
Holy smokes, bro. Has anybody seen the bone yet?
No.
Who the heck pooped?
Sorry guys, had to go take a poop. So did the music box lure it and it was just right there?
Yeah, it just popped out of the bathroom. Like, it literally came from the bathroom.
Oh wow.
We should probably get a temperature checker.
All right, I got the thermometer right there.
Okay. What else do we not have in there?
Spirit box and a writing book. I'll get those.
Okay. I'm getting the spirit box, so you get the writing book.
All right, I'll get writing book and UV.
I got dots right now. I don't see many ghost orbs.
It just shut a door. The EMF is going crazy. Do you know what door it opened or shut?
No. Did it move?
Wow, EMF is going nuts.
Yeah, I know. He's going brazy. Okay, dude, it is really hot, like right here where we are.
Huh.
Like, maybe it's like upstairs where the music box is.
There's no way it's upstairs. If it spawned in the bathroom, did you just anger it?
Uh-oh. Nico's dead.
Well, Nico's gone.
Looks like it's just us.
Boy,
Dude, we are getting
so unlucky.
a run for our money today.
Yo, this is not placed down correctly. Oh no.
Dude, we... Bro, what the heck, dude? Bro, we're getting murked.
Bro,
Oh my gosh.
it was so aggressive.
Thing is angy, bro.
I died. It chased me down so far.
You think I risk it for the biscuit, bro?
And do what?
Just go in there?
No.
Who cares, bro? What? How much money would we really lose?
I guess that's true.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy, you thought I was done? Huh? Thought I was finished? All I know is this thing is evil, bruh.
True. Okay, we got no evidence, but I'm gonna guess Raiju. Because we didn't check dots or ghost orbs. And I think it definitely could have been those two. All right, let's see if we got it right.
Nah.
Oni?
Ah.
Bruh.
Really?
Come on.
Okay, this time we lock in.
I can't believe I died so fast.
Dude, everybody just click once on the headgear. It literally just goes on your head. That's so perfect.
Let me just see.
Wait, what? Oh my goodness.
Bro, that's perfect for a ghost orb. Just click it once. It just goes on your head.
Is it on my head?
Click E.
Okay, I don't know how to click. Oh, you see?
Yeah, it's on your head.
I don't see anything.
And then Mia just put one on your head, too.
Wait, do each of you guys have a camera connected to your head?
Yeah, bro, just walk up to it and click E. Right here. There you go.
Oh.
Oh yeah, now we all got GoPros.
Let's go.
All right, this one's name is David Belfield.
Okay. Oh, and it likes people alone.
And it responds to people who are alone. Okay, fuse box is in the basement.
Okay, motion sensor and crucifix. Mia, you trying to come in with us?
Yeah, I can.
You kind of just come to the door and drop off a motion sensor and a crucifix.
Okay.
So you don't have to take everything. You can go back in the truck. So just grab the crucifix and like a couple motion sensors. Just put it at the door so we have it.
What is that beeping?
I think that's like the GoPro.
I don't know. I'm toggling the headgear, but I'm a little confused how it works.
I just think you don't like press anything. I think it just stays on.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
If you hold T, it makes a sound.
I don't like make that sound?
Trying to figure out what it does.
I think when it makes the like on noise, that's when it's like on.
All right, let's see if I can hear anything. Did we turn on the fuse?
Okay, I heard it. I heard it. I heard it.
Where?
It's either this bathroom right here or the next room over.
Oh, it's in here. It's in here, Shady.
The bathroom?
Oh, no, over this way.
Oh, past the hallway. Oh, I see.
It's right in here. Yeah. All right, I'll check EMFs.
Has anyone seen the bone?
Cash, you got temps?
No, I don't. I don't see the bone either.
I'll bring the temps.
All right, let's set up motion sensors. Go grab the other one at the door.
Okay.
Oh,
I heard beeping.
I think that was it. Did it walk over it or was that us?
I mean, we're having activity, but only 2.
Check if the ghost walked over the sensor, like on the little checkbox.
No, it has not.
Okay.
I'm gonna go grab some more stuff, like a video camera.
I bet.
I can see the camera on your guys' heads.
Oh, that's good. I don't need it.
All right.
I'll get dots.
I got dots right now.
All right, I'll get writing book then. Can you speak to us?
Yo, did anybody do this in the kitchen? Like move all this stuff around on the table over here?
No.
It's kind of cold in here.
Huh.
See my breath.
There's no way it moved, right?
I don't know. Try talking in the spirit box because there's a lot of stuff on the floor in here.
Can you speak to us? Can you show us a sign?
Temps are maintaining right now.
Are you here? Make a noise. Open this door.
I do not want to open that door.
Yeah, it's not responding on the spirit box. Let me try over here. Can you show me a sign?
Yeah, is there any activity?
Not really. Maybe like level 2 occasionally.
I'm scared. Okay, nothing yet.
Maybe this one needs to be alone.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to the
Oh, what is that?
truck.
What?
Guys, get over here.
Okay, wait, what?
How do we open this? Bro, do you see that?
Ew.
That's like a...
The hand.
Ew.
Oh, you can like summon this thing with it. I've seen this before.
Wait, what?
Wait, what? Hold on, let's get some stuff like an EMF reader first.
Wait, it says something on it. Hold on.
What does it say?
I wish the... Dude, I don't even know.
I think I just saw something on my dots, but that might have just been the fog.
Yeah, it was probably just the fog.
Wait.
Alright.
Yeah, no, I just see the fog. The fog like shows up on the dot, messing me up.
Dude, I think I could be in here.
Oh yeah, temps dropped a little bit. We're at 5.
EMF still normal.
Dude, maybe this thing like starts moving when it attacks. Oh, it is. It's literally moving. It literally just moved.
What?
Look, it's moved, bro.
What? Where'd it go?
Dude, I don't even know. It like literally just moved.
With the hand?
Yeah, the hand like is moving in my hand. Here, take it.
Oh, it's almost 0. It's almost 0.
Take the hand and hold it. It'll happen to you.
Level 3?
Okay.
Pretty sure it's freezing temps.
Just put the EMF on the ground like
Okay, yeah, it's 0. It's 0. Okay, it's freezing temps as well.
Okay.
Okay.
freezing temps plus what else? What else do we have?
Okay.
Nothing?
No, nothing. Sorry.
Okay.
Hand's not moving yet.
Just walk around. Oh.
Bro, I just ran into its path.
Just just walk around the cabinet.
Is it in the kitchen?
Yeah, it just started tweaking in the kitchen.
Okay.
Dude, what is this? Oh, I have a fork. Oh, heck no.
Oh my gosh, tell me.
I'm gonna check ghost orbs for them. Oh wait, Mia's still alive, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's interacting with the environment a lot. Oh my gosh. Yo, why is it so fast?
Oh my!
Yeah!
Hi, Shady died.
I think he's dead.
Yeah, is that you walking?
I'm dead. Ain't no way they're already hunting. Bro, can I not look for something, please? Nico, run! Please don't open the door.
Yeah, you lied to me! Oh my gosh!
Did we all die?
Mia got Nico killed.
What?
Did we all die?
I'm alive!
Okay, let's think about this. Things to note. It interacted with the environment when it was walking around, and then also it sped up. Like it got quicker.
Okay. I don't even...
It was freezing. It was like freezing temps too.
Okay, so I feel like we need to think about Revenant. Revenant makes sense because it got slower when hiding, but then when it started hunting me, it like started traveling kind of fast.
Okay.
Oh yeah, significantly faster speed when hunting their prey.
And then, dude, I'm forgetting the other one. Was anybody looking at the cameras? Like, could anybody see like a ghost orb ever?
No.
I couldn't see any.
Check the cameras, see if you can like switch to them still.
It won't let me switch them.
I tried multiple times. I don't think it's dots. That doesn't help out.
What if it's Moroi?
Moroi?
They place curses on their victims. I don't know what that hand did,
Yeah.
but it felt cursed.
Well, I have one crucifix, so I can check one more thing.
I don't know if you should risk it.
Yeah, then we can't get back. And that thing hunts.
True. I don't know.
Okay, so we don't think it's dots. We don't think it's ghost orb.
It wasn't talking on the spirit box, so I'm more confident with Revenant.
Yeah, that thing was violent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I definitely think it could be a Revenant.
So we're choosing Revenant?
Yeah, let's do that.
That could be that's my guess.
All right.
All right. I'm gonna head out.
Locking.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see if that's right. Please.
Please be Revenant.
Wow. It was a demon?
Seriously?
We did not guess that.
Well, that honestly makes sense because bro got crazy just right there.
Yeah. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today, we played a criminal tycoon in Fortnite. A game where you have to level up your base, make a ton of money, and rob as many stores as you can. You can even rob an airport and steal their plane. We got super OP in this match. Okay, we're playing a criminal tycoon, and I already claimed this plot, which means I can go in and start farming myself some money over here.
I'm gonna become the best criminal of all time.
And every time you hit this block, it gives you $1. If you look on the left side, it shows you how much money you got. What is that other stuff?
Oh yeah, we could get rich in this game.
It looks like there's silver coins and there's rebirths as well. I'm not sure how to get those yet. Wait, money printer. I could just get that for free. Did you get that yet, Nico?
Wait, money printer? Yeah, I got that for sure.
It literally prints $1 a second. What about this? Oh, $2 a second.
So we could literally print money out of thin air?
Well, we're criminals, so of course we're making counterfeit money.
Oh, okay, fake money?
Yeah, and we're gonna use it to buy stuff like Lamborghinis.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a little baller. Don't mind me.
I'm already making it to $90, so I could buy this one.
Nah, I already have a $4 a second.
Yo, me too. Well, we both got the same one.
Okay, let's see who can get the most money at the end of this challenge.
Okay, it's gonna be me.
No, it's gonna be me.
No, it's gonna be me. We gotta get to $200 anyways to make that next one. I know you see that.
Yeah, no, I see that. I already got it.
You already got it?
Yep, I got it.
Oh, no, I just now got it. Okay, that's not good. Maybe I should just keep grinding this thing out.
And I'm already on my way to the $400 money printer.
I see that too. Although there's an armory over there I might want too. It's only 50 bucks.
The question is, do you want to buy that and risk losing out on money?
True. I'm trying to get my money up.
Yeah, I'm trying to get my money up, but not my funny.
A car garage? Well, once you get your money up, then you can get your funny up. You know, work hard, play hard.
All right, I got the $400 printer.
There's another one for 500, but you need a rebirth for that.
I do see that one, but also there's another one that you could buy without the rebirth once you unlock the next one.
Are you just grinding out the money printers?
Yeah, kinda.
Okay, me too. I'm trying to see what else there is though. Daily rewards? Wait, hold on. I'm gonna risk some of my time. Oh, day one claim.
Hey, how do you access that?
Oh yeah, it's that blue present at the front of your plot.
Oh, wait, actually?
Yeah, you just gotta press on it.
Oh, claim. Okay.
Okay, Booge. Hey, guess who just got their next money printer though?
What? Oh, wait, actually, I got mine. I forgot to buy it. I had enough money, but I didn't buy it. This is exponential because the more money printers you buy,
The more money you make. Jinx.
Jinx again.
I'm grinding for that $800 one. I'm already at 600 bucks.
Okay, I'm at 600 bucks too. We're literally living the same life.
Oh, geez. Yeah, we're like right on pace. I'm gonna end up with more money though. Oh, next printer. Oh, yeah. 1200 for that last one. Oh, wait, no, there's 2 more left. Okay.
Yeah, it seems like it's gonna get difficult, but it just gets easier.
Yeah, I don't really care about buying walls or anything else because I'm trying to get the most money per second first.
If I was making this much money in real life, I would buy so many phones, so many gaming PCs.
Why would you need that many though? You only need one.
Because,
Okay. Well, I guess that's your life. I would invest it and grow my money.
oh, you are a smart person then.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, and I'm on the last money printer, 1500. Okay, that's easy. I wonder how much it's gonna give. Probably like $20 a second if I were to guess.
I'm thinking that much too.
That's gonna be the last one. And then there's walls, a garage, an armory. I want that armory.
Okay, I just got the money printer.
Wait, I did too. Boom. Ooh, 15.
Nice. You were wrong.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be 20. Although I can go get this car garage now. I'm gonna buy it. Boom. Whoa! I can steal money in the city? Oh, I'm going to do a task.
Ooh.
I shouldn't have told you that.
No, don't worry about it.
Okay, Booge, I'm going to rob this joint.
I don't know if you're gonna rob anything, Cash.
How do you know? I'm going to rob right now.
Maybe we're thinking with the same mindset.
Okay, or maybe you went to buy a gun.
No.
Are you sure? Ooh, break open cash register.
Oh gosh. Oh no.
Alarm triggered? Hold on, give me this money. Oh no, there's cops! No, don't shoot me, don't shoot!
Oh no, the peanut.
Oh, they're buns. Yeah, get me in here. Oh, I gotta go stash the money. Oh! Get me out of here. Don't you dare break my car, you cops. Let me out.
The peanut just killed me.
I went to the wrong area. This is not my plot. Oh, there's my plot. Okay, boom.
I need to make more money.
Yo, I just made a ton of money. Holy smokes.
Nah, not you making a ton of money without me.
Yes, sir. $7,000.
You could buy pets in this game.
Holy smokes, pets?
Not sure what the pets do though.
Maybe they could exponentially grow your money.
That's what I'm thinking, right?
All right, now I'm just using terms I don't even know the definition of. What does this guy do? He's 5,000 bucks for what? I'm just gonna save up for the $10,000 one.
I don't know, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the best weapons as I can.
Oh, nah. You bought the armory.
I'm coming after you, bruh.
No, don't do it.
Yeah, the armory's overpowered.
Don't do it. Whoa, what is this? Shotgun? Oh, I got shotgun. Nico, where you at?
I'm nowhere.
Are you coming to kill me?
No? What are you talking about?
I don't trust you. I feel like you're coming to kill me.
No, not at all.
I'm looking out for you.
I'm just going around the map just chilling, you know?
Okay, well, if I see you, I'm gonna gun you down.
Well, me too.
You better watch it.
I'm gonna find you, Cash.
No, I'm going to buy a pet. Give me a pet. Come on, it's gotta protect me, right? $10,000? Sure, we'll buy it. Spawn.
$10,000 for a pet. You just got scammaged. I'm sorry.
I don't know what he does, though. Maybe he makes me money.
No, he's just cosmetic.
I don't think he is.
Or is he?
Oh, he's not cosmetic.
Wait, what does he do?
I'm not telling you.
What? Tell me. I don't like that.
You're gonna have to find out.
Where are you?
Do you have a garage yet?
I don't have a garage.
Oh, you don't have a garage? Where are you at?
No, nowhere.
Hey, yo, you're shooting at me.
You don't know where I am.
I do know where you're at. You're that way, at the buildings. You can't hit me.
Okay, what's up? Ow! No. You got a shotgun, blah.
Yes!
No, you got a shotgun.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, why did I buy the buns weapons?
I don't know. Wait, who's that in there? Can I shoot them? Jewelry store? I want to rob that joint. Get me in that jewelry store.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to make some money. Is somebody already in here?
Tell me what the pets do, or else.
I'm not telling you. Oh, the peanut's in here. Hey, yo, peanut. I died.
Tell me what the pets do.
You have to buy it, and then you'll see what they do.
I know, I have one.
Oh, well, I don't know what they do, to be honest.
Ah, you scammaged.
But I'm buying a blue car.
A blue car? Okay, I need to get a garage, too.
Oh, this thing is quick. Wait, it has a boost? Boost! Oh, yeah. All right, I'm going to rob this gas station again, because it was pretty easy, and it made me a ton of money. Let me take from these cash registers.
All right, I'm spawning in a car.
And boom. And boom. Okay, give me that. Cops, get out of here. You're never going to catch me. I'm gonna run over him. Easy $2,000. Are you following me?
Wait. I see someone.
Who do you see? You see me, don't you? Oh, no, you're fighting the peanut, aren't you?
No, I'm not.
Oh, really, bougie?
I am.
Okay. Well, if you're doing that, I'm going over here to grind. Let's see what else I could buy with this $8,000 I got.
Let's go!
Did you kill him?
Yeah, I did. These cops are noobs. These guys cops can't even aim.
I'm buying walls for my place.
Never mind. I just died.
Security, wall, more security, windows. Ooh, I'm buying everything.
Everything.
Look at my build now. My tycoon is OP.
No, my tycoon is about to be insane. I got a car lift.
What does a repair tool do for a car? I'm gonna use it. Repair torch.
I don't know. Probably repairs it.
Oh, that is true.
Bro did not use brain.
Wait, how did that spend more than 500 bucks? Yeah, whatever. At least I'm level 4 now. Yo, my garage is sick.
Yo, no, my garage is sick. I got a blue base, actually. I changed the color of the entire base.
I saw the color picker. It was over here. Yes, buy. I'm making it red. Where's it at?
No, you're not.
Oh, here we go. Red. 500 bucks? That is a scam. But whatever. Let's buy it.
No, I got it just because it's cool.
Buy it and apply it.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now how else can I make more money? I need to find more ways to exponentially grow my bank. Generator. Boom. What does this do? Huh. Oh, okay. It's for the garage. Interesting.
Nah, I bought some random boxes for $800. That's a scam.
I think I bought those too. All right, I gotta go rob this jewelry store. I'm curious how much money it makes. First, though, I'm gonna turn my car around just so I have an easy escape.
No, I didn't even mean to buy those weapons. They just gave it to me.
All right, let's see how much I could steal. Give me that. Boom. Give me that ring. Boom. Those. I'm taking a ton of jewelry. Break that glass. Break that glass. Give me all that stuff. Oh, yeah. Get me in here. I'm getting out. I just robbed a jewelry store. I made 5,000 bucks. Holy smokes. Okay, wait. Run number 2. I'm going to rob the gas station now. Make another quick buck. You know what I mean?
Quick buck real quick. Don't mind if I do.
Give me these cash registers. Break it open. That's 1. There we go. And that's 2. Is there anything else in here? Wait, there's something in here. Lockpick door. I think I forgot about this. Oh, yeah. Give me that. Break open the safe? How did I miss this earlier? I could have made so much more money. Oh, my goodness. Wait, there's cops on me. Back away. Back away, buddy. I'm armed. Take the shotgun. Yeah. He's dead. Okay, back in my car. And then I run away with the 5 grand. Who's that running over there?
Hey, I see someone.
Hey, don't worry about me. I'm just escaping with $5,000.
5,000.
Yeah, 5,000.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness, I'm goated. All right, now it's time to go spend this money wisely. First, I think I'm gonna buy some weapons, and then maybe a better car.
Hey, where'd you get the money?
Nowhere.
You got it at the bank, didn't you?
Maybe. You don't need to know.
Nah, he robbing.
Okay, so that's the whole point.
Yeah, this is the criminal tycoon.
Although I bought some more stuff. What is this? Give me that. Oh, okay. I like this. Oh, I like this a lot.
Okay, Bosh.
Where's Nico at? Do I see him?
No, you're not fighting me. Get away from me.
I just want to test something.
No, I don't want you to test anything on me.
I just want to test something. Let me tell you something.
Okay, what do you want to tell me?
Where you at?
Nowhere.
Okay, well then if you try and pull up on me, I'm gonna test it on you then.
Well, okay, maybe. Maybe I will, maybe I won't.
And for now, I'm just gonna go in and rob some more places.
Yeah.
Hey, yo! What did I just spawn under my car?
Ooh.
Flip. All right.
Ooh, I got 5 down. I got 5 down on me.
You did?
Yeah, I did.
Give me that 5,000.
Oh no. I don't even have a car. I don't even have a car.
Where did you get it from?
Don't worry about it.
Are you in the gas station or the jewelry store?
If robbing banks were this easy, that'd be bad.
Yeah, I know. Wait, you robbed a bank?
No.
Is there a bank deeper in here? I see someone!
Oh gosh, hey, what's up?
Ah!
Hey, thanks for the car.
Oh, give me back my car. I'm in the car too.
Oh no, the peanut's here.
Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Oh, nah. Y'all have fun fighting in there.
Hey, Cash, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Hey, no. Don't aim for me. The peanut. Did he get the money?
Nah, they don't keep the money.
You can try and take my car, Peanut. I'm just gonna respawn it over here. Oh, wait. I have enough for this gray car. Although, if I get 30K, I could just buy that orange one. So maybe I just wait for now. Okay, we'll just spawn the blue one. I prefer the red color, but this'll do. Okay, truce for a little bit. I want to try robbing this bank.
Okay, truce.
I just want to see if I could do it. Ah, it's closed. How much time does it got till it reopens? Somebody in there? Yo, who's in there? I think that's security. Okay, I'll just go back.
Yo, there are more money printers when you unlock the second floor.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, nah. I've been focusing on the wrong stuff.
You are not locked in.
Okay, really, bruh?
I don't even have enough for those printers anyways.
That is not good. Hey, bro, who's in here? Peanut! Peanut! I know you're in there! Yes! I killed him. Can I steal this money now? Give me that glass. Steal. Ooh, I'm stealing a ton. Ow! The police are hurting me. They're hurting. Back away. Back away. Get off me. I'm not afraid of you. Uh-oh. Okay, maybe I'm a little afraid. There's a lot of cops on me. I might die here. Okay, I need to run back to my car.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, no! I got my car and died.
No!
Wait, I keep my money, though. No, I don't.
Oh, you lucky. You have to escape a certain radius. And hey, wait, you looted this entire thing.
It was also the peanut.
This is messed up.
How do I... Oh, my goodness. There's more stuff you could buy. I need to start grinding out my tycoon. What am I doing?
You do need to start grinding out your tycoon.
Why do I need boxes in a wall for 500 bucks?
I don't know.
There is no point.
Some things in life you just buy because they're unnecessary.
I guess so. Walls would be needed in real life. Ooh, ceiling, shooting range, shooting dummies. Okay, Booge. I guess this is pretty cool. It's time for me to deck out this entire place. Security, wall. Oh, boom. There we go.
Dude, there's a gold statue you can buy for 25,000 at the front of your base.
Did we find out what the pet actually does?
Nope.
Yeah, it's kind of useless.
Kind of buns.
Kind of buns. Okay, let's buy a ceiling, pipes, tires, car lift, windows.
Yo, I big shot.
Oh, nah, the peanut's on you.
No, the cops came to my house, bruh.
Okay, I'm gonna go see if the bank's open now. I'm gonna try and rob it. All right, let's see. Bank robbery in progress.
Hey, yo, come over here, bruh. Get over here.
Hey, you said truce.
I know, but the peanuts started shooting me.
Oh, true that. All right, well, oh, the bank's open. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see if I can cook. Anything for me to steal? Hello, bank.
Ooh.
Oh, wait, I gotta lockpick the door first. Okay, got that. Yeah. All right, we gotta go. The cops are on their way. I gotta run. Oh, my goodness, I'm seeing a lot of stuff here. Give me that. Give me that. All this stuff. So much jewelry. Holy smokes. Wait, my bag is full. I already have 5,000. Okay, that's fine. Maybe I just gotta make 2 trips. Hey, leave me alone, Peanut. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. There's more stuff back there. You can steal it. Okay, now I just gotta escape a certain radius, and then maybe I can come back to steal more money. Let's just go here and then go in like a circle. Oh, yeah. $5,000. Now we go back in here. I gotta help Mr. Peanut. Hey, don't worry. I got you. Where are you at? Oh, this is like a SWAT team. Hey, get off. You too, buddy. All right, get in there. Uh-oh. There's more guys on here. They do a lot of damage. And dead. Oh, I missed. Embarrassing. Okay, they're following me, but I think I could steal more stuff down here. Go, 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 go.
Cash, are you good?
Yo, Nico, we gotta do robberies as a group.
Oh, wait, actually?
Yeah, it's goated. Instead of fighting each other, we could just be a team and then kill all the guys.
Okay, let's do it.
We already robbed the bank, though. I think there's a couple more things. Next time we go in, we'll just do it all together.
Yeah, exactly.
Where's my car at? Oh, it's over here. Easy 5,000. Now we go back home.
Bro, you get rare items at the second floor.
What?
Yeah, the second floor is overpowered.
I need to get my second floor. All right, park this thing in the front yard. Yup. Sorry, car. Now it's time to buy the rest of this. Next floor. Boom. And I think I need rebirths for all these things over here. How do you rebirth?
Oh, no, you don't want to rebirth. You have to do the entire tycoon and then rebirth and then do the whole thing again.
Did you rebirth?
No, because I haven't reached max tycoon. It takes a while.
Man, some of this stuff is so expensive, although I can get a mod bench. Weapon mod bench.
That's what I'm saying.
Ooh.
What does the mod bench do?
Yo, this is booge. It lets you add stuff onto your guns, like a scope, extended mag,
What the heck?
barrel. Okay.
Why can't they go in the bank when it's closed?
You know, I don't know. I'm gonna add a scope onto this gun. Red dot sight. Let's do it. There we go. I got a thermal scope now. So if I exit this. Yo, this is sick. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna add it on this too. Thermal scope. Buy. Boom. What about my shotgun? What do I want on here? Ooh, definitely an extended magazine. Speed mag. Give me that. Give me the laser. I'll take that. And a barrel. Now I upgraded my entire thing. Oh my goodness. I'm booge. Scanning. Scanning. No bodies detected. Money printer. Ooh, gimme. I'm trying to make more money. I'm making so much more now. Hey, who's near me? Who is that? State your name and your presence. Oh, it's Peanut. Hello, Peanut.
I'm just doing a bunch of robberies.
Okay, wait. We could go rob the bank. Oh, you got shields.
I just robbed the bank.
That is so goated. I just bought another money printer. I'm in need of some cash. Let's go. I'll take my own car. It's time to rob that bank. Wait, what is that? He's pointing at something. The battle pass? I have to hit this. Open battle pass. Unlock premium. Wait, free chug splashes. Oh, there's a bunch of free stuff you can get with the battle pass. Free car. Oh, Nico's color is here too.
Whoa, wait, yeah, Yeah, you can get stuff.
You have to go unlock the battle pass at the front of your base.
You know, I unlocked it. Oh, yeah, no, I see that my color.
Whoa, pick up Chug Splash. Ooh,
Oh, that's so much stuff.
big dubs. All right, I got my Chug Splashes. We good. You can just spam a ton of them. Now it's time to rob the bank.
I'm just reinvesting in money printers right now.
Since we have healing, we can actually do robberies pretty easily. All right, let's go to the bank and get as much as we can.
It's time.
Nah, Nico already robbed it.
My fault.
Really, dude? Let's see if there's other buildings to rob. A burger joint? I would kind of feel bad.
You never know. Maybe they got money at the burger joints.
That is true. There's more gas stations out here. Wait, hold on. There's something this way. Is this Dusty Divot? Yo, there's a whole airport over here. Hold on, what? How did I not see this before? We're in unmarked territory. Excuse me. Can I shoot these guys? Yo. They damaging me. Ow, it hurts. It hurts.
Oh, gosh.
I need to find cover. Huh, I'm good. What they gonna say now? You gonna miss. There we go. One dead. Now this guy. Okay, this thing does not do headshots. Boom. Dead. I think the sniper's goaded for this. We need to go in deeper, Peanut. Let's move. You too. Dead. Wait, that guy's frozen. Bart in the bougie. Uh-oh. I'm reloading. Okay, what can we steal from here? I wish these guys didn't have so much health. Holy smokes. I need to chug splash myself just in case. Run away, you're gonna die. Wait, there's a plane here. Can we rob this thing? Hold on, I'm going inside. Excuse me, sir. Sorry about this. Yep, there you go. You're dead. Peanut, look at this. There's stuff we can rob. Get me in there. Oh my goodness. I just got the coolest gun ever. That's going in my first slot. All right, who is shooting at me? How are they even hitting me? Give me this money. Oh my goodness. You don't even need a bag for any of this stuff. You could just steal the money and go. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Get out of here. Ah! Yo, Peanut, come pick up this gun in this plane. It's goated. What else can I steal?
I'm almost fully maxed out on money printers right now.
You gotta come to the airport and steal all the money here.
There's an airport? What?
Yep, it's on the other side of the map.
Okay, I'm coming.
You could just steal money and then dip.
Steal money, dip, and then steal money and dip.
Show up, steal money, leave, and do your thing.
Oh my gosh, I got the new car from the battle pass. This is sick.
Oh yeah, I've never even tried that yet. I'm just out here stealing money. Next building is this one. Oh yeah. Boom. Holy smokes. Last building. It's this little airport thing. Oh, and there's money in here too. I wonder if there's any more guns to steal. I got one in that first plane, but I don't really know. Okay, we good now. Can I fly the plane? Nope, I can't. Oh, I'm getting shot at. Ah!
Dead.
There is a plane I can fly. Hey, let's go. Woo!
Wait, what? You can fly a plane?
Yep, and I could boost and everything.
That is overpowered.
I'm flying over the city as a criminal.
Oh, this is so cool.
I think you've reached max criminal mafia.
Yeah, I'm at $100,000 too.
What?
I told you.
Nah, you really unlocked it.
The airport's OP. I'm gonna safely land it over here. Safely? This isn't really safe. Okay, that's safe, right? Oh, that's gonna crash into a tree. We good. I think the plane's fine. Now that I have $100,000, I can literally buy everything. Let's just get this car lift. Boom, thanks. Go to the second floor up here. Just sprint over all these money printers. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my goodness, this thing gives $10 a hit. Why don't I just grind that out?
Dude, there's so much money at the airport. You're right.
That's what I'm saying. There's new guns in here. Okay, Booge.
You know, we got a lot of money.
I'm definitely buying some of this stuff. $7,000 for a sniper, whatever, we'll do it. Oh, I bought 2 of them. Nah, what am I doing?
You fumbled.
I fumbled. It's okay. I still got a lot of money to work with. Wait, actually, no, I don't. I thought I had 100K. Nah, whatever.
But you spent all your money.
Hey, Nico, where you at? I gotta show you something.
What do you gotta show me?
I have to show you something.
I'm trying to figure out how to get a plane right now. I don't know how you got that plane.
Oh, you're in the airport, are ya?
I got the legendary assault rifle.
Oh, yeah, that thing is goated.
Did you get that in the airport?
I'm on my way to you.
Okay, bet.
I don't know if it's gonna be a good thing.
Are you gonna be my friend or are you gonna be my enemy?
I'm going to be your enemy.
Ow!
Where are you at?
Well, I'm just chilling, actually.
Oh, you're chilling in the airport.
I'm just a chiller.
I just heard an explosion.
That wasn't me.
Where's he at? Hold on, let me just do this. Ah!
Ow!
Is it even damaging you? Oh, wait, he got in the plane.
Oh, what's good?
Oh, I exploded it. Yeah.
Oh, bruh.
I am OP. I am King Criminal. That's my name. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today, we're back on Gartic Phone, and we came up with the funniest prompts to give each other so that we were forced to draw them. First, we played a game of telephone, where you have to try and keep the prompt the same no matter what. And then we played knockoff, where you basically have to copy someone else's drawing, but you only get like 5 seconds towards the end. This video was hilarious. We're back on Gartic Phone, and the first thing we have to start with is a sentence that someone else is gonna draw. So I need to think of something funny. And what do I want to see? I'm gonna do something like this. I feel like this would be kind of funny to see. Boom.
Okay, I did something funny.
All of us have to write a good enough sentence so that we can actually draw something, and I hope I get a really funny prompt. All of you guys better write some really good stuff.
I wrote a good sentence.
Okay.
Ooh, mine is not a sentence, but I like it.
I'm gonna cook on my drawing.
What is this?
This is my sentence at the top. Wait a second. How am I supposed to do that? Okay. Okay, I think I can, actually. Let me lock in. Start with the landscape as always. Paint bucket tool is kind of buns. And then we fill that in. We're gonna do the sky behind at a lower opacity. Fill that in.
Dang, you full tryharding, huh?
Oh yeah, full tryhard mode.
Yeah, he sound like he ultra locked. Like, bro, chillax, dog.
Okay, really?
Chillax, dog. It's not that serious, dude.
I need to figure out what this thing actually looks like. Okay, wait. So this animal kind of looks like this. Boom. And then I gotta fill all that in. I'm gonna do the main outline of it first. It's got some big old ears. Boom, like that. And then, oh geez. I forgot how I'm gonna draw the rest of this. I'm just gonna try like that. Oh geez, that might be a little buns. It's okay. Stubby legs, like that and that.
We haven't even gotten to the main drawing yet. What am I doing?
Yeah, honestly, I haven't either, but it should be fine. Fill that in. Oh geez. Okay, this is starting to look a little buns. I'm not gonna lie. I forgot that I was at a lower opacity. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Can I just fill this in? That looks all right. Let me try and go in with like a gray or something. Make that look a little better. That looked buns.
I'm kind of stressing right now.
I am too. I'm not really sure how this is gonna look in the end. And I don't have a lot of time.
Mine is nowhere near done.
Oh, neither is mine. This is actually kind of bad. Lock in. There we go. Let's add a stripe here and here. And then maybe some like eyeballs. Oh, geez. Yo, it's already ringing at me.
I think mine's solid.
I don't know if mine is solid. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, mine's really bad.
I gotta do a stick figure. I gotta hurry up.
Oh, mine is so bad.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Can I do the face at least? Okay, boom. Face right here. And some hair on top. I think I did it.
I'm so sorry, Zoe. I'm so sorry.
What did you do to it?
I had to rush so much. Oh, I know what this is.
What is it, guys?
I'm not really sure if it's just one word or if I do something else.
I don't know what this is, bruh.
I hope you didn't get mine.
I'm just gonna do one word for this. Boom.
I think I got shady, dude.
Oh yeah. I feel like Zoe's the one that put this one down. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, what is this sentence I was supposed to do? Who wrote this? This is crazy. Okay, this is kind of messed up, but I'm gonna draw it anyways. I gotta do a line at the bottom here, like that. And then we do a wall, making this all look 3D and stuff. It's kind of cool. I think I'm trying too hard on the background though. I'm not gonna lie.
Wait, you're doing background?
Yeah, I'm making a cool looking background right now, but the drawing itself is kind of messed up. So I gotta make sure that I actually cook with this. We're gonna start with that. That looks pretty good. And then we gotta fill that in with the paint bucket. Boom. Okay, pretty good so far.
Dude, what is this? My drawing is so buds.
Now what? Okay, now it's this side of the image. I realized that I run out of time super quickly, so I can't focus too much of my time just on small details. I gotta get the whole gist of it going. We'll do an arm on this side, and then we gotta draw some jeans. We'll do that in a lighter opacity. Boom. Although wait, no, he doesn't wear jeans. He wears these. Perfect. Now we gotta go back to the skin color and do that. One on this side, and then some legs. I know it's not filled in. I'm gonna fill it all in a second. Just trying to get every little bit. Okay, there we go.
Okay, I'm done.
Already?
Easy.
I don't know. Zoe always a speedrunner drawer, and then she's also really good.
I know, that's crazy. Okay, that looks good enough. Add some hair on here. Oh, geez. Oh, this is bad. You know what? I'm just gonna make it look like this. Yeah. Okay, and then this is kind of morbid, but I gotta add some of this, and then some of this, like that, and then the mouth, I guess.
Oh, mine is so good.
Okay, I did it. I think that makes sense.
I ran out of time.
Oh, what is this? What am I looking at? Well, if I were to put a sentence for it, I'm gonna do in front, I don't really think this is the sentence. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to figure out what the sentence before this could have been, but I'm going with that.
Dude, I don't know what this is. I'm gonna be real.
I don't really know what mine is either. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh no.
Yo, what? Okay, I have to do another one.
I don't know if I can even draw this.
I don't think I could draw mine either, but I will. You know I cook.
All right.
What in the devil?
We'll do one of these, fill that in, and then we'll do one of these, and then fill that in. Now I gotta do a huge mouth like that. Paint bucket tool, you gotta save me here. I'm not gonna lie. Do some teeth like that all around, and then an evil looking eye like this. Yeah. Now I just gotta get an arm. I'm gonna make that a darker color actually, like that. And then some little legs. I know this is a little plain right now, but I'm trying to make sure it actually makes sense before I do anything else. Do some eyes, sad face, and then some arms. And now we can do the details because I have time. I actually did this really quickly.
I'm not cooking right now. It's not good.
Oh, no, you gotta lock in. I was cooking previously, but I just didn't have enough time. Okay, these details are kind of buns too. I thought they were gonna look a lot better in my head, but I think you can tell what it is anyways, so it doesn't need that much detail no matter what. Let's fill that in. And I think this is the quickest I've finished one. I am so chilling on time.
Okay, speedrunner.
Oh yeah, speed run time. Boom, I'm already done. I'm never done with drawings that quick.
No, what is this?
Okay, mine's kind of buns.
This is not it.
The hands do not work.
What am I drawing? I messed up so bad.
I'm about to see some buns looking drawings. But this is the last round, so we can see what everyone did.
No way. Oh no, this is bad.
It's time to check. We're gonna start with mine. So I put the sentence, Zoe yelling at an old man.
Yelling.
We're gonna see if it sticks till the end. So Shady got it, and he drew her yelling at an old man.
Yo, what is Zoe holding though?
It looks like she's holding a gun.
She's pointing at him.
Zoe yelling at a grandpa? Question mark?
I did not know.
Honestly, that was pretty close. Oh, that's pretty good. Why does her face shape look like that?
I would never yell what a grandpa.
Okay, what is this? Zoe yelling at an old lady. It does kind of look like an old lady. I'm not gonna lie.
I did a lady, my man.
Why did I read something else?
Yo, is she killing the old lady?
What in the world is that, my brother?
What in the world?
Why did I read something?
The prompts kind of stayed the same, except it turned into her killing an old lady.
What is that thing, bruh?
Oh, jeez. Yo, Zoe became evil. All right, Mia started with the peanut eating a peanut.
Oh, no.
And then Nico drew this. Nah, what is that?
Yeah, and you know, I'm the goat.
The peanut licking a peanut. That is basically what it looked like.
I fumbled.
I had to replicate.
Zoe did that. Oh, that's pretty good.
I like it.
I like it. And Mr. Peanut put the peanut eating a baby peanut. Honestly, not bad. That's what I saw, so I drew this. I did the best I could, okay?
Is that my son?
Okay, that looks like eating now.
Yeah, it could be your son.
I didn't know I had one.
I thought you had two.
Oh, yeah.
Now it's time for Mr. Peanut. He put Nico riding a llama with a birthday hat.
That is long.
This is the first one I got, so I drew that.
Just wait until you see mine, bruh.
Okay, Nico said Nico riding a llama. Yo, you forgot the birthday hat.
Well, I didn't know.
Oh, nah. What is that?
Dude, okay, I got this one and I was confused.
Oh my gosh. Nico on Clyde.
Clyde is not built like that, bro.
All right, Mia, what did you put? Oh.
I didn't know what to say.
What the heck is that, Mia?
He's squishing Clyde.
He smushed him.
Oh, poor Clyde. He got crushed.
Yo, Mia.
What sentence did you put, Zoe? Alabubu.
Alabubu.
Who's the one that drew this?
I tried.
Honestly, it was pretty good.
It's a Labubu.
That's definitely a Labubu, so I just put Labubu.
He's Alabubu.
You forgot the A.
Yo, my bad. Maybe it'll cook at the end, though.
You guys are so good.
Labubu.
I like it. Labubu. See? We all think the same way.
A day.
Mr. Peanut. Oh!
Those are so much better than mine.
And you had the most time, Mia.
I tried.
We actually kept the time. That was pretty good. All right. Shady sentence was the peanut getting cracked and leaking peanut oil.
What?
Ew. Oh, yo. Yo, poor peanut.
I cracked him, dude. That's me.
I feel bad. Shady killing the peanut.
And then I looked at this and I went, what?
I know. I drew this.
Oh my god. That's gruesome, dude. What the heck?
I'm dying.
He got stabbed. I feel bad. Shady killing the peanut.
Oh, my God.
And Zoe put, oh my goodness.
Dead.
That is really good.
Am I okay?
I don't think you're okay. I think you got killed.
Tina, I think I cracked you, bro. I'm sorry.
Okay, finally it's Nico's. Let's see. Peanut dancing with an alligator.
Wait, why'd I get something different?
Oh, nah.
Oh.
That was a really good drawing.
I'm scared.
The peanut dancing with an alligator in Crocs.
You got the one after me.
Okay, Mia put this. Oh, this is what I saw.
Oh.
I saw this, so I said peanut dancing in front of a dinosaur.
Yeah, that's what I got, bro.
I didn't know that it was supposed to be with him. Oh.
Oh, no.
That's so funny, bro.
It kind of kept its theme.
What is that alligator, bro?
Mia's alligator is the worst thing I've ever seen.
I tried so hard on the peanut.
The peanut was actually good.
I like it.
That alligator, bro. What is that?
It was an alligator, guys. He's an alligator.
Okay, now we're playing knockoff, where you have to copy the drawing before you, but you're gonna get less and less time as it goes on. But we're starting with our first one, so I can draw whatever I want. I don't have to copy anyone. So what do I want to draw? I think I know. I'm gonna start off with a nice background. I got all the time in the world to draw this, so I'm not gonna rush too much. We're gonna get some brown, and I'm gonna put that in the dirt like this. And then fill that in. I'm adding a ton of detail to mine. That's just gonna make it harder and harder as time goes on, though.
Mine's gonna be difficult.
Yeah, no, mine is too. I'm just warning y'all.
Oh, we're making them difficult, I see.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, no, Zoe, you don't do that.
Good to know. Good to know.
Oh yeah, if Zoe makes them difficult, we're cooked.
Well, we're done for.
No, it's okay. I can still replicate whatever Zoe makes.
Yeah, me too.
I can't.
I'm drawing a cool little guy. I'm doing a little broccoli fella. I like him. Maybe the outline's too thick though. Let me make it a little smaller. There we go. Okay. He's gonna be really happy too. He loves his life. And he really hopes that none of you guys mess him up after he's done being drawn.
Now you don't gotta make me feel bad.
He's gonna be very sad if he gets messed up. That's all I'm saying.
No.
Don't mess him up now. His name is Broccoli Head.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why don't you just name him Brock?
I like that idea more.
I like it.
I'm gonna give him a little nose and then some little legs. One here and one here. And he's gonna be so happy. Look at him. He's such a happy little broccoli guy. Now I can give him some shading. We'll add little dots everywhere because that's how broccoli looks, I think. Just little speckles everywhere. And we'll do some on his face too, like that. Give him a lot of different details. Maybe I should give him some cool shoes since I got the time too. You know what? I'm gonna do that. Let's go in with blue. Oh yeah. Okay. Shoe number 1. Boom. Shoe number 2. He's kind of dripped out. I'm not gonna lie. All right, there we go. Now we gotta add some detail on it though. Some socks above. Little black outline around the entire thing. Okay, maybe the outline did not cook. Never mind. Maybe I just do a stripe instead. Yeah, you know what? Something like that. That looks good. Okay.
I'll make it a little easy.
You're making yours easy?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, I guess I'm done too. I don't really know if I like the shoes that much though. I think actually with this outline, it looks a lot better.
Mine's hard.
Well, I can replicate it. Don't worry.
Now you won't have the time to do the details.
Nah, I'm a cook. I'm doing an outline on my guy now.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Something ain't right. All right, outline is pretty much done. We're running out of time, but it's fine. Hold up, wait, that rhymed.
Oh, nah. Somebody stop him.
Nobody can stop me. Broccoli man is done. I love it. Let's add some tiny little clouds just to make it a little harder on the next person. Oh, yeah?
I'm really maxing out on this time right now.
Me too.
Yeah, I don't really have much else to add, so I'm gonna click done.
Okay, I'm done. Submitted. GL, next player, GL.
Well, we still got a lot of time, don't worry. But this is kind of when the chaos starts.
Okay, I did it.
All right, let's go. Time's up. What? Wait, this is awesome. Oh, I did not remember that at all. Oh gosh, I forgot. Okay, well, I think I can still cook. I think it started with like this color right here, and then I gotta do a big circle like that. Okay, perfect. We'll add some shading, of course.
Who did this one, bro? This was so easy.
Probably me. Mine was bad.
Oh, that's some W shading I just did. Oh yeah. And now we'll go in and add a bunch of these. One there. Actually, kind of gotta lock in right now. Fill that in. Boom, boom, boom. Now we gotta do. Oh geez, that's the paint bucket tool. Oops. Okay, like that and like that. I'm trying my best here. I'm not gonna lie. It might not look good though. Oops.
Okay, I'm done.
How?
Because I got an easy one.
You got an easy one? Nah, I'd never be getting the easy ones. Whoever did this drawing cooked on theirs.
I really forgot what my prompt was.
I did too. I did not spend enough time looking.
Oh, we're out of time. We're out of time. No time, no time, no time.
No time.
No time?
You know, I just gotta go with this. I'm sorry.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I may have fumbled.
I forgot the background, but you'll know next person. You'll know.
Oh gosh. Okay, that was not good.
Oh, what is this?
Wait, this is low-key kind of easy. I can do this real quick. I gotta use the line tool to my advantage. Boom, fill that in. And then there was one of these, one of these, one of these. Wait, I forgot what was on the other side of this. Was it a tree?
One of these, one of these.
I actually forgot what was on this side of the image.
Oh man, time. No time, no time.
Oh my goodness, no time.
That's what I'm saying.
Yo, okay, we get black. We do one of these. I think it was like a tree. I'm just gonna put that in the middle here. Oh geez. Oh, this is so not good. Yeah, we are running out of all of our time right now.
No time, no time, no time.
Oh, what is this? I'm supposed to draw. Okay, yellow. I don't know. Okay, fill that in. I'm stressing out.
I'm stressed.
I'm so stressed. All right, one here, paint bucket tool.
What did I just get, dude? What is this?
Oh gosh. Oh, I'm so cooked. I so cooked right now. Yo, no time.
Dude, I can't even finish this one.
Oh my god, what is this? Yo, what did I just get? Okay, I could draw that. Actually, I'm chilling. I forgot that I'm goated at this game. Boom.
You locked in.
I'm locked in.
It's getting to the point where you're just using shapes.
No, for real.
Okay, one of these, and then boom, one of these.
Bro, the last one that I just did, bro.
Oh, nah.
I just shrunk it by so much.
What is this?
Oh my gosh, dude.
Yo, what did that even look like? I don't even know.
Shady, I think I got yours, bro.
I actually finished this last one like way quicker than I expected. All right, let me lock in.
I don't even remember what this was. I didn't look.
Yeah, I don't remember mine either. Okay, boom. There we go.
Okay, I don't know what happened there.
I did pretty good.
All right, let's see. I started off with my broccoli guy. Look at him, he's happy.
Ooh.
Hey!
Now we'll see what he turns into. Okay.
I couldn't do the background.
Paint bucket, Mia.
I forgot.
Yeah, paint bucket is your friend. No, what is that?
Oh, Nico.
Dude.
Okay, I couldn't even finish this one. I didn't have any time.
It's getting worse. Oh, he lost his face. Peanut, did you bring it back?
Nope.
No.
Ah.
Oh gosh, he doesn't have a face anymore, or legs or arms. Ah!
He lost everything.
Oh gosh. Okay, honestly, not bad though. Let's see this one. Oh, this is the snowman one. There was a present on this one.
Yeah, I didn't have time.
Oh, okay. He lost a little quality. That's what I saw, so I drew this. Tree lost its leaves. Oops. We got no more tree anymore.
This is just how winter goes, you know?
Look at this, bro.
What is that?
I shrunk it, bro.
Oh my god. Yo, that went really plain.
Wow.
Just shapes at the end. All right, what about Zoe's? Oh, that's what it started as.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Oh, nah.
Hi, I'm SpongeBob.
Did you say pink SpongeBob? Nah, Mia, what is that?
I tried.
Oh my god.
Look at this, bro. Whoa.
Ew. You just turned creepy.
Bro, is he from Roblox?
Okay, bruh. Nico used the shapes, so I did the same thing.
Oh. Shapes are so funny.
Why is mine better than Nico's though? Look, he got eye sparkles.
I'm crying. That's so funny.
All right, Peanut, what did you start with?
Ew.
You were the one who did this?
Baby.
I thought it was gonna be shady. Ugh. Ew, it's so nasty. It looks like a water fountain in that.
What?
Zoe, what?
I didn't know what else to do. I just remade.
She somehow cooked. And then Nico did this one. Oh, okay, yeah. Nico just lost all the quality. That's what I saw, so I drew this. Did someone have one after me? Oh, yeah, Mia did.
I tried my best.
Toilet.
Ah!
I couldn't get the poop.
Yeah, the poop was gone.
Oh no.
My drawing is so buns, bro.
Okay, let's see. It looks like an Among Us chasing him down.
Oh, this is what it was.
Oh.
This is the one that I got, so I had to reference that. Yeah. Honestly, I replicated it, though.
That's me.
Oh, wait, that was yours, Peanut. I think I replicated it pretty well.
Oh, okay.
It's like the same 3 drawings.
Yeah.
It's a bird's eye view now.
I'm sorry.
This is what I got, and I didn't know what that was.
Oh no.
Oh, my goodness.
Yo, that's kind of cool. The perspective changes.
I know the perspective. It's like a movie. Bro got ran over and then it got the Breaking Bad view, bro.
Drone shot. All right, now it's Nico's. He did. Oh, you're the one who did this one.
Dude, I was going to say who did a Solar Smash thumbnail, bro.
Dude, that's fire.
That was actually really good, but I did not cook on mine.
Ah.
I didn't have time. I didn't have time. Why do I look like a planet?
What is that?
No time.
Yo, the Earth turned into a cookie. Oh my god.
Thank God Zoe saved us.
Dude, they keep getting closer. They're going to kiss.
Wait, are they gonna kiss?
Oh.
What happened? Wow.
I don't know.
That one was definitely the hardest one to draw. Jeez.
Yeah.
I'd actually say pretty accurate.
Yeah, no, you need to be a thumbnail designer, bro.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Today we're playing a game called That's Not My Mom, which is a game about finding anomalies in your house, but one of the anomalies can literally be your mother. And if that's not scary enough for you yet, take a look at our house. It's creepy just by itself. Why we got boards on the wall, man? Now, I would think that our mom's probably upstairs somewhere sleeping, but apparently she's just taking a little nap in the living room. And the front of our house just has this coat rack with a big green dresser and a calendar. It's December 1st. There's also a newspaper over here that says anomalies are attacking houses. I'm just a little kid. I came home from school. Anomalies are invading homes now. This is serious. The government still can't identify their origin, and countless families are losing their sanity, leading to multiple reported deaths. Let's hope I'm not one of them. If you believe your house is infested with anomalies, please follow the procedure. Leave your house if an anomaly is present. And guys, you gotta keep this in mind. It can take any form. Missing objects, entity apparitions, demonic sightings, and more? What? And if there's no anomaly, then we go straight to our bedroom and sleep. And we have to do that 23 times. What? Usually anomaly games only make you catch like 8 to 10 in a row. This one is crazy. So we leave our house if something scary is coming to touch my butt. But if everything in the house is normal, then we go upstairs and go to sleep. Okay, well, I guess we gotta start memorizing, guys. So outside of the front door, we got a coat rack, a green dresser, calendar, phone, newspaper, and a clock that says 6:34. On the other side, we have this boarded up room, but inside all I can see is a piano, part of a rug, a chair, lamp, and a bench. That is not a bench. And also the curtains are just ugly. Mama, you got really bad taste. Okay, right here is pretty easy. We just have a dresser with a telephone booth and a lamp. But this living room is gonna be the hardest part, buddy. Okay, really? We got a plant, 2 speakers, a TV that's upside down, and a plant. Okay, 2 plants. Over here, we have black, blue, brown bottles, 2 vases, and I don't even know, man. Okay, we got some ugly looking couches here with our mom sleeping. Mama, wake up. Mama. She does not like me. The table has a green vase and blue bottom to it. There's a lamp there, a photo with 2 crosses. This is impossible. I am most definitely missing something. Okay, let's go upstairs now. We got 4 paintings on the wall right here. They all look pretty much the same. More crosses, a belief sign, and another painting. Wow, mother, you really like your paintings, huh? Okay, well, luckily most of these doors are boarded up, so I don't even have to memorize them. We got 2 red chairs, a table, and a shelf. Another coat rack, another plant, and then I'm guessing this right here is my room. Let me in. Oh, I guess that's how you go to sleep. All right. So now comes the fun part, guys. We gotta make sure nothing changed. It looks like we're on day 2, so that's probably the only thing that can change. I think the anomaly newspaper says the same thing, but everything here is good. We had the coat rack and the clock. What about in here? Everything in there looks pretty much the same. Okay, let's go to the living room next, because I feel like something definitely could have changed in here. We still got the ugly plant, 2 speakers, and a plant there. Was it black, blue, brown? Could have sworn it was brown, blue, black. I'm just gonna say that it's normal normal. I didn't really look at the pillows last time, so if that changed, Mama, I'm cooked. Okay, table still looks ugly. Mama, you still asleep? Yo, she's gonna wake up one of these days. Was this candle always here? I'm gonna take a guess and say yes. Maybe I just forgot to call it out, but let's just keep going upstairs, buddy. All right, well, we still got the paintings, still got the crosses. Someone here to touch my butt? No. Okay, we're good. This weird contraption, I think it's an oven. 2 red chairs. Yeah, okay. I mean, there's no way something would have changed on the second day, right? Right? Come on now. We should be on day 3 now, buddy. Let me see it. Oh. Yeah. Okay, Martins, we are doing very good. Did this phone always have a missing end? I'm starting to see stuff that I swear I didn't see last time. All right, well, let's keep on going. Still not seeing anything weird. Mama, have you woken up yet? No. Okay, everything in here is normal. Yes, it was black, blue, brown, by the way, guys. I'm kind of scared to go up to my mama. Mama, a girl behind you. Mama? Maybe I should remember her clothes. Teal and teal. Also, Mama, since when did you get so pale? Oh my gosh, she did. Girl, I don't even care. Actually, I do care, Mama. I'm sorry. So far, I mean, dude, if something changed, it's not very obvious to me. Guys, let me know in the comments if I'm stupid and missing something. Wasn't there 2 crosses? Maybe not. You see, my brain is playing tricks on me again. All right, I'm gonna say it's still safe. Oh God. You see, this is when I start to get unconfident. Apparently it was safe, but like I'm looking at new stuff every time, like this chandelier. Since when was there a chandelier? I don't know. Okay, looks pretty normal. I mean, unless you change something small. Yep. Mama, are you awake? No? Oh my gosh, she's still dead. Mama, I finally passed my first math test, but you ain't even here to see it. Also, how is there nothing changing? Either I'm going crazy or nothing changed. Guys, come on. I'm going to bed because there's nothing to see. Ha, thanks, buddy. Day 5? Oh my God. Okay, surely this day actually has something different, right? Maybe not. Something about this feels off. Buddy, what the heck? Why we got 9 vases up there? Mama, you collecting? That's not right. You are not right. You better not get up off that couch before I go back outside, buddy. I am running the heck out of here, man. Ain't no one normal put 9 vases up there, man. Please tell me I got it right. Ha 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 ha. We're on day 6 now. All right, guys, we're doing a very good job. So far, Mama has not tricked me. Ha ha. Okay, yeah, see, guys, there was only supposed to be 2 vases. Sorry. So far, I haven't really seen any changes upstairs. Can there even be a change upstairs? Surely, right? Okay, I'm not gonna lie. There's literally nothing that changed. There's no way I'm missing something. That's another easy Freelo Brelo, right? How? What changed? I literally looked at... Is there a way to see it? What, like, can you tell me what I missed? Newspaper? Help? No. Wow. Mama! All right, guys, I'm gonna have to lock in a little bit harder this time. Mama, you know you kind of scare me. I don't think I like you very much. Can I have a new mama? I think my mama want to kill me, but I'm not sure. Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no. Why? Tell me why the attic's open, man. Who's gonna crawl out of there? Mama? Nah, bro, I don't trust that. Okay, I'm sorry. I wasn't even gonna go up to check. I'm not messing with that, man. Since when was the wood floor? Wait. What? Since when was the floor wood? Am I tripping? Was it always like that? I swear. If it changes next round, I'm gonna be mad. Buddy, you wanna tell me why the calendar is black? I can't see what day I'm on. I can't even see if I got reset or something, man. Why? Even the doors are black? Mama, what'd you do to the house? I like it. Just kidding, not really. Are you gonna get up and scare me? Oh, Mama, your hands are black. I don't like the painting that you did very much. It's not very good. I hate it, actually. Get me out of here. All right. We're on day 6. That's good. I believe this floor was always wood as well. See, guys, you gotta just learn to take a quick look and then look back away, because if you look for a little too long, then you're gonna start overthinking, you know? Like, were these paintings always ugly? Yes, they were. That's why I take quick looks. Was there always 2 chairs over here and 2 shelves? Yes. And did anything actually change about this entire place? No. You see? That's my mindset going through it, and that's why I got that day right. Why? Guys, was that lamp always that big? Excuse me, sir. What the heck are you doing in my house? Mama, you see this? She does not like me. Yeah, there's no way that lamp was that large, buddy. Dude thinks he's LeBron James. Nope. I grew up in a basketball family, man. Come on. You ain't taller than me. Ah, yes. That's much more like it. Short just like me. I mean, I'm tall. Mama? I didn't realize you were awake. Listen, I made it to day 7. You're not gonna kill me, are you? Oh, I really don't want to go up to you, even though you are terrifying. I think I'm just gonna run out the door. What the heck? Mama, I made it to day 8. Are you proud of me? Oh, God. So what was that about? Got up for a glass of water. I could have gotten you, Mom. Dude, these dumb vases. You know what? At least it's an easy anomaly. Ha. All right, guys. Day 9. Oh, my God. Guys, can you tell what the anomaly is? Come on, it's pretty easy. That painting is off. Okay, I'm kidding. Obviously, there's way too many crosses up on here, man. Easy mode. What is this, day 11? Okay, I'm speedrunning. Haha, I am the GOAT. I think. All right, no, it's just day 10. I'm a little stupid, guys. Mama? Mama, what you doing? Mama, what you doing over there, Mama? Get your hand off the barrier, Mama. Mama, I don't like it, Mama. Oh my God. I'm gonna pee myself. I don't like this. What the heck? Hey, Mamas, you're getting a little aggressive. Where the heck did the piano go? Mama, you stole it? I want to play the piano. Fine. You know what? Fine. I'm leaving. I don't even care. Take the piano. Huh. Whatever. Oh my God. Day 13. Am I cooking or am I good looking? Sorry. Oh! What the heck are you doing up there, Mama? Mama, if I kept going up the stairs, were you gonna jump on me? What the heck you looking at? I am not going up the stairs. Or should I? No. I'm literally on day 13. I can't. You're not scaring anyone. Actually, you're scaring me. I'm out of here. Dude, this game is freaking me out. Okay, so apparently Mother can duplicate herself. I don't like it. I don't like it anymore. That is not my mom. Get it, guys? That's the title of the game. Oh. You don't like it now that I'm halfway through the game, huh? And you know what? I'm gonna beat the entire thing. Please don't be up here. Please. Okay. I think we're good. Please, come on. Day 15. Please don't reset me now. Do not. Yes! Day 15, baby. Mama? Man, what the heck is in the hardwood floors? We gonna have to get a carpenter for that, you know. Is that my mom but duplicated? Or is that another woman? I don't trust going near that. I think I'm just gonna leave. Bye, mom's friend. I'm going back to school. Nah. Okay, we're on day 16. We literally just have 7 days left, guys. Lock in. I am in lock-in mode so hard right now, you guys can't even tell. I got my memorization skills on point. As long as Mama don't get up and start chasing me around, I'm good, honestly. There ain't no way that I'm dying. Or at least I think. Mama? We're good? All right. Day 17. 6 days left. And then I am going to be victorious. Ain't that right? Ha ha. What the heck, man? Stop it. Stop it. I don't like that cat. Dude, first it was the Kun nest, and now this game. Okay, you know what? At least we're on day 18. We're still cooking, and I'm still good looking. Okay, let me stop. I feel like Mama's getting more aggressive. Oh, what the heck is that thing? Get me out the door, man. I knew it. If I walk into her at any point, I'm literally dead, aren't I? And I have to restart the entire game. Dude, I have 4 days left. Mama, I'm not gonna let that happen. You can get up off that couch. You can get up on the stairs. It ain't gonna scare me. Dude, every time I go up these stairs, I just pee myself a little now. I'm just scared she's gonna be creeping over staring at me. I don't know where she's gonna be from next time, but so far, I don't think there's anything in this one. Please, no reset, no reset, no reset. Come on. Ha. 4 days left. I gonna win it as long as nothing small changed in front of me. Interesting. I believe it is safe. Yes. Oh, no. No. It's not safe. Mommy, you was not my mommy. I didn't look closely enough, guys. I thought I was good until I saw her up there. Man, day 21, you know. Yo, she hasn't touched the piano room in a while. I'm not gonna lie, I don't even think... Did I see something or am I tripping? I think I might be tripping, so I'm not gonna scream or react. I could have sworn I saw someone crawling in here. Maybe not. I'm just gonna say we're good. Wait, let me take a look-see poo up here first. Yep. Okay, I think so. I hope so. I feel like I get slower the longer that I take. Like the game's trying to rush me to make a decision. You know what? Game, my decision is go to sleep. Dude, okay, if I get any of them wrong now, I'm gonna be so sad. Yes, 2 days left, mommy. Better not have messed with my piano. Okay, good. Thank you, mommy. Good night, night. There better not be a duplicate clone of you somewhere upstairs. You're so good at surprises, mom. You really got me last time. I'm not gonna lie, I had to change my underwear after that. It was good. Props to you, mother. Don't ever do it again, though. You know what I'm saying? Come on now. Okay, these stairs are so hard to move up sometimes. Believe in yourself. Yes. Oh! What the heck, Mom? Mom, what the heck, Mom? Oh my God. Why? Okay, day 23. Is this the last day? Am I done? You messed with my piano, Mom? Huh? 23 days. Okay, that means she left it. Oh. It says the anomaly leaves after 23 days. Mommy, do I go in the door? Yes or no? What? Wait. Hello? My boy, listen. It's in the house again. I can hear it moving upstairs. Slow steps like it's pretending to be gentle. It looks like a child, but it isn't. Its shape is wrong. Too dark, like a shadow trying to wear a child's body. Every day it wanders through the house, room to room, searching for anything alive. It always goes upstairs eventually. I saw it go into your room once. I thought that was the end, but it never came out. I don't know if it could see you, or if it thought you weren't alive anymore. Whatever the reason, don't make a sound. Stay still. I'm still trying to figure out how to stop it. I don't have a plan yet. The outside isn't safe. More of those shadow things are in the other houses, searching for anyone still alive. They don't leave until a place goes silent. I love you, my sweet boy, more than my own life. Stay hidden, stay quiet. I'll come back for you, I promise. What? Wait. Wait. What? Mom? Oh my God. Wait, is that dead boy me or the anomaly that has been haunting my mom? I think that's me. Or maybe it was my mom in the closet. Wait, what? That's the end of the game. I gotta figure this out. Okay, so somebody online said that the ending is trying to tell you that you were the anomaly the whole time. And the reason your mom was acting so strange is because she was actually terrified of you and trying to get away from you. If that's actually the ending, that's crazy. It could either be that or we really did just get rid of all the anomalies. But either way, if you guys want to see more games like this, drop a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Peace. We're playing prop hunt on this ginormous map. And the first seeker is the peanut. We have 15 seconds to hide. So find a spot. And if we press E, we can morph into whatever prop we want. Look. Oh my goodness.
This is gonna be so difficult to find.
Peanut, you're gonna have a lot of trouble finding us.
Oh,
Well, the good thing is for him is that there's not a lot of things you can become.
I see somebody, bro.
I'm in a really bun spot. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm actually in a pretty decent spot.
All right, I'm just gonna stay right here.
Wait, I need a minute, Peanut. I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, I had to figure it out for a second too.
Peanut, let me live.
Oh, you can make mistakes?
I died.
Oh, Peanut died.
Oh, good.
Okay, I see him, so I'm gonna run over this way. I want to become something else. I don't like what I am.
I just jumped as this block.
Yo, you just gave yourself away.
Nah, I'm chilling though.
Okay. Yo, I see you, Nico. Are you that block?
Wait, no, what are you talking about?
I know exactly where Nico is, bro.
Me too.
Oh, shit, do you see that?
Oh, bro's out of position.
I'm kind of trapped in a little space, and I don't like it.
I heard something.
You heard a taunt?
Yep.
Uh-oh. What was that?
Boing.
Boing. It wasn't me. I think it was Nico.
What are you guys?
I'm not telling you.
No, you gotta tell me.
How did the peanut not see that? That's crazy.
I can't get out.
I'm making noises on him.
I'm kind of scared. I'm gonna die to the peanut first. I already know it.
Where are you?
Nowhere?
No, let me out of here.
Are you stuck inside that playground?
I think he is.
It is pretty annoying to get around sometimes. I hear him shooting, but I don't think he killed any of us yet.
Oh, Peanut, no.
Oh, he found Zoe.
Wait, Zoe got caught?
I think he found her.
Oh, Zoe, you better run.
Oh, no.
What just happened?
Oh, he died.
Do you know where I am, Nico?
No, I don't.
You don't?
Wait a minute.
Where are you guys?
I'll give you a hint. I'm in the playground somewhere.
Ow.
How does he keep dying?
This is hard. turn. It's the spinning arm in the middle.
Oh, the spinning arm.
Yeah, I keep getting hit in the head.
That makes sense.
Hey, where'd you guys go?
Nowhere?
Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Run, 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 run.
I don't even know what to shoot.
Just remember, if one of us get caught, then it adds to the hunters, and then it just gets easier. So don't die.
You just gotta find one person.
Hey, no!
Oh my god.
I was a cone. I should have ran. Now I gotta help him search for everyone, but I only got a minute.
Oh, yes, sir.
Wait, I heard a sound nearby. Oh, it was Nico.
What? Dude, how?
I found him instantly.
I'm a hunter now, wow.
Shady, are you nearby?
No.
Oh, really? Wait. I found Shady.
Bro, I was at Big Prop the whole time.
Hello, hello.
Zoe, where you at?
Nowhere.
Are you making boingy sounds?
Yeah, how is Zoe surviving, dude? She was literally out in the open.
I got her. She was the cone.
Really?
Yes.
What?
Yo, Peanut, I just locked in for you.
Thank you.
All right, I'm the hunter this time. You guys have 18 seconds before I come out.
Okay, we gotta go. We really gotta go.
Run, 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 run.
I'm gonna turn into that. No, wait, I don't like this. I don't like this. Give me something else. Run, run. Go, 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 go. Oh my goodness, we might be so dead. Are we cooked? Wait, how did you become that?
All right, I am a hunter. Oh, ow, ow, you get damaged.
You heard a ding sound?
That's why I kept dying.
Who just farted?
Yo, I heard a fart.
Dude, whoever did that, you're trying to give away my location. Cut it out.
Hey, Shady, what's up?
Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go.
Oh, that was loud.
Nah, who's farting over here?
Oh, nah.
There's gotta be someone over here.
I don't want to use my taunts all the time, but I am. Oh, this is so bad.
Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro.
Where are you guys? What?
Nowhere. Don't worry about it. What was that? Hey, bruh.
Oh, what are you guys hiding as?
Who's farting out there?
I'm a little cold.
I am a little cone as well.
I'm red. I'm a red one.
Wait, me too. We're twins.
Bro, where are you guys? I'm so confused. I'm just trying to listen for sounds right now.
I'm using my taunts on you. Uh-oh, Scubberday. Oh, Nico might find us.
Hey, the taunt stopped.
Well, we're using them every chance we get.
That means I'm nearby.
It automatically uses... We can't control the taunts.
Well, that one was loud.
Oh, wow.
Don't worry, I'll get him off you guys. Come find me.
I see you, Nico.
Oh gosh, did he find someone?
I'm confused. What?
Expect a little bit of nibbling on your earlobe.
What?
What?
No.
Oh, Peanut, are you dead?
Get over here, Peter. Get over here.
Peanut, are you cooked?
No, I'm gonna get away.
Gotcha.
Oh, nah. I just used a taunt sound.
Dude, my hiding spot is so bad right now.
Will the Peanut be able to actually help Nico? We will see. I might have to leave.
But that was a small prop.
I know, right?
No, you know where I'm at. Hey. Oh, your buns. Oh, your buns. Oh, your buns. Your buns. No, your buns.
Oh, got him.
Okay, I was in a bad spot, to be honest. But now, it's time to get some weapons.
Dude, it is so hard as a seeker.
Is it? I'm gonna start hitting everything. Grenade.
Dude, how have I not been caught?
Wait, I just whacked something random that was shady.
You caught him? Wait, it's Zoe just left?
How have I not been caught? My spot is blind.
Let me figure out where she is. I can listen for the taunts.
Where are the taunts, Zoe? I want to hear it.
No, not allowed. Oh, I see people.
Oh, you do?
Got her. She's right there.
Where?
I'm just a block!
In the middle.
Yo.
I see her. Let her get up. Let her get up.
Get her.
Table!
Yes!
No way.
Dude, someone walked on me.
Oh, nah. And now it's time for the next round.
Okay, fine. I'm a prop.
I a hunter.
Okay, what do I want to be? Wait a little skibbity second. Oh, I love it.
I number 2.
Okay. Yo, very smart. Very smart. We got a good spot this time.
This is genius.
Yeah, I know.
I see you guys.
I see you too.
Wait, who's right there?
I don't know who you're talking to.
I'm jumping.
Are you jumping?
Wait, that's me. I see you.
Where's Shady at? Did he die?
What just happened? Oh, nah. What?
Oh, nah. What in the skib? Yo, I'm getting out of there. Good luck, everybody else. I'm running.
Yo, you left us.
Oh, nah.
Yo, I'm not staying if I'm gonna get killed.
Oh, got him.
Oh, nah. Okay, where can I actually go?
Hi.
Zoe? Well, I forgot that you spawned right there. I shouldn't have moved around so much.
Is Nico in here too?
No, I don't think so.
No, I'm somewhere else, dude. You're never finding me. I'm just saying.
Wait, I don't want this hammer. I want the gun. Actually, no, I do want the hammer. All right, let's go. Somebody still back here by any chance?
No, but I see you.
You do? All right, I'm gonna just listen for your sound then. Peanut. Oh, the car started moving.
The car?
Is he over there?
I killed him. Now it's just Nico that's left.
Where you at, Nico?
Yeah, good luck finding me.
Oh, I'm looking.
I haven't heard his sound.
Use a taunt. Let's hear it.
I'm not using a time, bruh.
He doesn't want to because we're near him. It's gonna autoplay for him though. He can't control it. Oh, Nico.
I don't see any movement.
I'm gonna start hitting everything around here.
I used the taunt.
You did?
Yeah, I did.
Wait, I didn't even hear it. That means I'm not near.
No, I did.
What?
Are you lying?
Yo, Zoe, we need your help. We're not gonna be able to catch him.
I know, I'm looking for him.
Nico.
Where's he at?
I'm waiting for something to move. Wait, did I just see something?
What did I just hear? What did I just hear?
Are you in there?
I thought I just heard something.
It's the funniest thing, dude.
Who are you watching?
Where is he?
Oh,
Ah, he got me.
you got him?
Yes.
Is that a good spot, Shady?
Yeah, I was low-key good.
It's like you gotta blend in with something that just looks natural. And I'm the seeker again.
Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Just turn me into this for now. Whatever. I'll take it.
The hiders haven't won. You guys gotta lock in.
Yeah, I know. Well, actually, didn't Shady win? Maybe not.
Yeah, Shady just won last round, right? Ayo!
Wow, that's crazy.
I did not know that you spawned there.
Dude, that's what happened to Cash.
Yeah, it was kind of buns.
Straight off the bat.
It's okay. It's okay. Let me get out of here so I don't die.
I know y'all are gonna do my strat and be the blocks, bruh.
I didn't even know where you were. I'm running out. No, thank you. All right, who's farting over there, bruh?
Hey, it's awkward whoever's over here.
Oh, nah.
So I didn't even know anyone was there. I just assumed. And then you revealed yourself.
I don't like my spot. Was that my taunt?
Yo.
Wait.
Come get me, bro.
Yo, how do I get over there, bro? Oh, bro, you better lead yourself into a dead end, dude. You probably don't want to do that.
Oh, nah. I got my strat going for me.
He's over here. He's over here.
Where's he at?
I'm low. I'm gonna die.
I think I'm chilling, although everyone's nearby.
Okay, where'd he go?
I don't like it. I don't like it. Get me out of here.
How did Shady just juke me?
Holy smokes. I'm getting so close to you guys.
He was something huge.
He's huge.
What do you mean he's huge?
He's ginormous.
He's a big prop. Oh, Peanut's dead.
Wait, push bar to open.
What?
Never mind.
Oh, that's so awkward. Oh, that is so awkward. But your aim's buns, though, Zoe. Your aim is buns.
No, I had something. Wait, but he's not here. He's not here. He's not here. He's not here.
Your aim is buns. No, your buns. Oh, skippity toilet. Get me out of here. Get me out.
He's right there.
I don't like that spot. Let me leave.
Dude, how have we not gotten him yet?
Oh, gosh, I missed. Oh, yo, wait, hold on. Juke. Oh, I tried it.
Dude, how long was that?
Oh my god, baby. I don't want to press it.
I want to press it.
Just press it, Shady.
Where are you?
Where is he?
Is there anybody in the bathroom? All right, give me this hammer. There we go. I love the hammer. No one's in the bathroom here.
Bro, there's too much time. I don't know if I can survive for this long, bruh.
I know, right?
Wait, what did I see over here? Yo. Wait, I heard something.
What are the noises he's making?
We gotta listen for the taunt. Where's he at?
Dude, how did he escape me? What?
He's on the goat. I don't know, but heck, and I'm obviously winning.
All right, dude.
Yo, he has a good spot. I don't know.
I'm so confused where he could be.
Guys, did you know if you hold control, you could slide?
Wait, really? Oh, I didn't even know that.
Yeah, me neither.
Dude, I haven't heard a single sound effect from him.
Shady!
Not that kind of sound effect.
Shut it.
Where are you at?
I have a feeling he's in the bathroom.
He might win as a prop here.
He could.
Come on, please. I got 1 minute, bro. This is so hard.
Nico, did you just die?
Yep.
Oh, gosh.
Come on, please. I just want to win as the prop. I just want to win as the prop.
Don't let him win it. Yo, where's he
I
at?
heard it, I heard it.
I heard a fart.
He farted? You smell like you farted.
Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at?
Are you looking for yourself?
Guys, there's like this toilet paper that's like on top of everything, and I don't know if this is him or not.
If you're shooting at it, then it's not him.
Yeah, listen to Nico.
Wait, are you in here?
Listen to Nico, bro. He knows everything, right?
Is he in the bathroom?
There's a toilet paper right here, and I don't know what it, like, if it's glitched.
Zoe, kill him.
I'm telling you, look at this. Peanut, look. Is that not normal?
It's like near here, right? You heard that too?
He's on the shelf somewhere.
Where?
Watch it, watch it, watch it.
He's on the shelf, isn't he?
Oh, I'm right here.
I swear I saw that.
Hey, no way!
Okay, that was kind of goated.
He won as the prop!
That's crazy.
Oh, now I'm the Big Daddy Hunter.
Oh gosh, it's Shady. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Run, 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 run.
Run, run, run.
When are we gonna die?
Wait, I need to unlock my rotation. I don't like this spot. This is not the spot.
Better not find me instantly. I'm gonna crash out.
I feel like I'm gonna get found instantly.
That was insane pull.
You already caught someone?
Yeah, I did. Let's hear those taunts.
I feel bad for Peanut, bro. He just died every game.
Poor Peanut.
This is not fair.
Sorry, Peanut. Bruh!
Oh, no.
How? I was still setting up.
Bro, you've been there 3 rounds.
Okay, Peanut.
What? There's no way that's not a person. There's someone back here, bro.
I did 5 damage, so someone's there. I need an actual weapon.
Daddy!
Got him.
Yes, Martin, yes.
Okay, now we just need Nico's little bum.
Where are you at, Nico? I'm gonna smoke bomb him.
I'm nowhere, bro. Don't worry about it.
I don't like this noise.
Oh, he's dead. He's dead. I know exactly where he is.
Where is he at? I swear I heard the boing this way. Did I not? Am I twipping?
Where'd the pizza go?
Where is he?
Oh, who farted? You smell like you farted. Where you at?
Oops, Lace.
He's around here.
Bro, is he doing the same strat, bro? Is he one of the big blocks?
He's gotta be.
I hit it for 11.
You hit someone?
And for 11.
Wait. Oh, it was a big block. Oh my goodness.
Dude, the block strat is just too good.
You always be in the blocks, bro.
That's like my 4th round as a block.
And Shady's the overall winner. 75 points. That's crazy.
Oh, look at me do my little swaggy dance, baby. Yeah.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
For every second that passes, you get +1 strength in Fortnite. And the entire goal of this game is to get as strong as possible by using punching bags and nodes to make yourself stronger. You can also upgrade yourself by gaining aura every single time you hit, and it can multiply you into the millions of strength. Let's see which one of us can become the strongest in 30 minutes. All right, first off, we got to strike this big punching bag to gather aura. That's what it says.
Oh.
And if you hit it 15 times, it'll complete.
It's time to increase our strength.
Oh yeah, every time I hit it, we get +1, and you can see on the right side how much your total is. I'm at 16.
I like this.
Now we got to use our remote to upgrade our strength.
All right.
And you can buy it with all that strength you just got. It's called aura though.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
And now we need to upgrade 9 more times.
Yeah, we do. I'm just going to keep striking this punching bag. I'm going to pass everybody up. I'm going to be the strongest in the game.
Nah, I'm gonna be the strongest.
No, I got this.
We'll see. Can I upgrade again yet? I can. Upgrade. Boom. Oh yeah.
Well, I just upgraded twice.
Now I'm getting +3 aura every single time I strike.
Okay, Bose.
I'm getting +4.
Okay, Boj. Wait, you're at +4 already? Oh, nah. I got to catch up.
Yeah.
All right, upgrade that twice. Wait, 3 times. Boom. Now I'm at +6.
I'm at +7.
Nah, he's ahead. Okay, it's fine. We got to do that 10 times to complete this quest. Let me upgrade this a couple more times.
Yo, my mouse is stuck.
Now we're getting +9.
Oh, yeah, I'm getting +10.
We're all just in the gym right now working on self-improvement, basically.
Duh.
We are working.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I did that.
Okay.
Now I'm walking over here.
Upgrade efficiency can also upgrade. Oh, that makes sense. Anyways, if we run over to the stage entrance, we can begin our journey. But I kind of want to get 1,000 damage in before I do that.
Yeah, we need a little bit more damage before we can go into the journey area.
Yeah. So far, I have 300 aura. I could use that to upgrade level 2 strength. Let's do that. Boom. Oh.
What's the difference between leveling up 1 and 2?
Well, you get more levels if you level up too.
I see.
Yeah. So I'm pretty sure once we get to 1,000, it'll actually allow us to unlock that. Let me just get there real quick. I'm at 917, 950, and 1,000.
Let's go.
Nah, how did you beat me, though?
I have no idea. I just upgraded my level 3 strength, though, so now I get +25. Oh, yes, sir.
That's crazy. Wait, before I upgrade anything, I want to unlock this first. Okay, perfect.
Oh, yeah. I definitely should not have upgraded yet. That was bad. You're smart for that.
Now I have access to this area.
Okay, hold on. I can get to 1,000 again really quickly. I'm already at 600.
Wait, whoa. Oh my gosh, yo. We can mine ore in this area, too.
Are you serial?
Yes, and now I'm getting 24 per hit.
So it's not a punching bag anymore?
24. How are you guys so low?
Well, I mine bamboo.
What do you mean?
Mia-
We're not low.
I get 164.
Wait, what?
What?
I get +60.
Yo, Mia bought the starter pack or something. That's crazy.
No, I didn't.
Destroy the bamboo. Hold on. I'm not doing enough damage. I need to upgrade more strength. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. I'm doing 89 damage every time I hit, but I feel like that's nothing compared to Mia.
Nah, why you stealing my node?
Dude, maybe both of us get it.
Why you stealing my node? That's great.
Oh, I got 1 out of 5. Did I steal it?
Oh, I got 1.8k. No, we're good.
All right, good.
And I can upgrade the level 3 strength. Oh, that is so good.
Yeah, that's what I did. I'm getting 157 damage now. Mia, am I ahead?
I don't like that.
What happens if you upgrade the efficiency? What does that do?
I think that makes you gain more strength every time you upgrade it.
Oh my gosh, yeah, no, I think that increased my numbers. I'm now getting 158 per.
What?
Okay, I'm getting 273. We good.
Okay.
Mia?
Wait, hold on. I'm getting 300. I'm chilling. Nah. My strength is becoming OP. I break a node. I upgrade everything here.
Okay, we just need 300k to unlock stage 2. Simple.
Oh, easy. 300k is going to be so slight, especially when I'm going to get like 1,000 a hit.
I will be the very best.
Wait, I only have to destroy 1 more node.
Stop it. I don't like that.
Let's go. Let's go. Level 1 node, goodbye. And we completed the tutorial. So now we can actually keep going by ourselves. Let's upgrade all of this. And is upgrading the efficiency actually worth it?
Yeah, I think so, honestly.
I'm pretty sure.
All right, maybe I should lock in on that then. Upgrade efficiency. Let's do all these. Hello, upgrade shop.
Okay, wait. Ooh, what is this?
Critical strike chance. You can get a +5% chance to critical strike, but this is all expensive.
Yeah, I bought one of those.
You did?
I'm buying one.
Yeah.
Ain't no way. How do you have 15,000 aura?
Don't worry about it, fam.
Do you know who I am?
Mia, and you're also Unk.
Okay, one, not not that old.
That's so true, though.
And 2,
Don't call me an
Okay, fine.
I'm also like the person in the group with the most aura.
I don't really know about that one.
If you agree, then punch Nico.
Okay.
Wait, no, Zoe's going to punch him now.
Yo, that's crazy.
Okay.
Get over here.
All right, you know what?
I'm at 40,000 aura now, so I'm pretty sure I can go to the upgrades shop, and now I can buy the critical strike chance. Upgrade.
It was 15.
It's a marathon, not a race.
Okay. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, he has the 4090. Chill out, Cash.
You have the 4090?
Yes, I do.
That graphics card is insanely hard to get.
I know.
Just wait, bro. I'm about to get the 6090.
Okay, the right side of my screen says use the signal remote to select teleport and reach the lobby quicker. Oh, teleport? And we can teleport wherever we want. Can I go all the way to area 3? No, I can't. All right, here's area 1.
How'd you unlock the teleporter? What?
You just gotta right click on your remote.
Oh.
It's super slight work. Am I one-shotting nodes now? Oh, almost. They're kind of like 4 hits now.
Wait, I don't know how to do it.
How much do you get per?
I want to get so strong to where I can hit these in 1. I get plus 1.46k every time I hit.
Okay, I'm still ahead.
Oh, I see.
Nah, Mia's ahead of me.
1.5.
I don't like that. Okay, really?
Yeah, I'm goaded.
Hold on, let me upgrade all my stuff real quick.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, dude, the crit chance is overpowered.
Oh, there we go. Boom.
All right, I'm unlocking more of those.
Now I'm getting plus 4,000, Mia.
Okay, well, how? Like, that doesn't make any sense.
I'm just upgrading myself.
Because you're buns, Mia.
Hold up.
Or it's because I'm Sigma.
All right, I'm spending 10,000 Robux to get this pet. Let's go.
Do it.
I'm playing.
All right, let's upgrade all this. Boom. Perfect. Destroy some more nodes. I'm almost gonna one-shot these.
Yo, yeah, I'm upgrading all my efficiency.
Oh, yeah. Boom.
Oh, yeah, wait, I'm getting like 4K per hit now.
Yeah, the efficiency is definitely a goated upgrade. And we need 300k for this. I'm at 42, so I'll be there soon.
We grinding.
I'm 2-tapping.
Hey, you guys are stealing my nodes. I'm one-tapping.
I don't care.
I'm goated.
Hold on.
Yeah. I'm gonna go over to this side. Because y'all keep stealing my bamboo over there. Yeah.
How do I get more?
Whoa, I'm just spamming this.
Let's go here. I need 300k to upgrade that. You know what? It's fine. I'll just upgrade this a lot. Boom. Upgrade efficiency. It gets really expensive really quickly.
I still don't get the point of upgrading the lower levels.
It's just something you can spend the rest of your money on.
Oh, just something I could click. I like that.
Exactly.
He likes that.
It's like a little simulator. All right. One hit. One hit. One hit.
Bro, y'all are stealing my nodes. Y'all are stealing my nodes.
Yo, my fault. One hit.
Hey, hey,
Hey, one hit.
hey. Dude, no, Cash is literally doing this on purpose now. That's crazy.
No, I'm not. You were just going for the same ones.
Praying on my downfall.
We had the same brain. Okay, I'm only a third of the way to actually unlocking the next area, so I kind of have to lock in here. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. 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 Hello, Zoe.
Hi. Hey!
All right, I just need 200k more to get the next upgrade.
I kind of just stole that from Zoe, but do I want to upgrade anything here, Nat? No, I don't. Never mind. What's up this hut?
Wait, I wanna try seeing. Are the nodes really that good? What if we go back to the start?
Stage 1. True that. I was thinking the same thing. Wait, there's a little crate over here.
Wait a minute.
Can I breaky?
I think this might be method.
Is it actually the method?
I don't know.
Either way, I'm one-hitting all of these nodes, so it's not really a problem for me to break them down.
Oh, don't worry about it. Stay over there while I'm here.
Oh.
He learned something. What did he learn?
Yeah. What did you learn, dude?
Oh, okay.
Okay, well, we got 2 people over there on level 1, 2 people on level 2.
All right, I go over here. Boom.
Zoe, they don't know our method. We're the smart ones.
Yeah, I'm cooking.
He's trying to steal our bamboo.
I go over here,
Stay away.
He's trying to steal our bamboo.
and I unlock the stage 2. Let's go.
Wait, I'm almost there too. I just unlocked it. Oh, yeah.
Oh gosh. Oh no.
Get me over there.
Wait, I'm behind.
Hello, Nico.
Hey.
All right.
Hey, get out of here. Hey.
Do I one-hit these? Oh, I don't.
You sticky poopy butt.
Ooh.
Hey, I am not a stinky poopy butt.
He just called you that.
Okay, well, tell me how much you get per hit.
Okay, hold on. I get 6.41k.
How?
Because I'm goated.
6.41.
What kind of pets you got?
I don't have any pets yet, but that could actually be a purchase in the future.
We need 3 million.
I'm breaking all these nodes. Wait, did I actually pass up Mia, though?
No, I'm at, let me see.
If you're more than 6.41.
I am currently at 9K.
What?
Yeah, I'm the GOAT.
How?
Because I upgrade everything.
Oh my goodness.
Every single thing possible.
Okay, well, I need to lock in then.
I got the max level of that one.
The next stage, you need 3.3 million aura.
Jeez.
That's just so much.
Are mining the nodes even worth it?
No, I'm just at the punching bag.
Yeah, right? Just go to the punchy bag?
Yeah, I just sit here.
Wait, really? Swear.
Yeah, no, I think that's the strat.
All right, teleport, punching bag. Let me see. Is this punching bag really worth it?
Wait, how do I teleport?
I don't know. I just ran.
You have to right-click on the remote.
You right click, teleport. You gotta teleport to the valley.
Oh, you guys are right. The punching bag is the method. Holy moly. moly.
I just upgraded level 5.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, guys, have you guys checked out the weapon shop?
No.
Yeah, I can't afford anything. It's 2.5 mil.
What? Nah, bruh.
2.5 mil? They taxing out the wazoo over here.
You think we got money like that or something?
I'm saying.
I'm about to get that kind of money. Just wait. Oh, yeah. Give me that and that.
How do I spend my V-Bucks?
Oh, Mia, I'm getting 12,000 every hit.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's cool. I'm getting 16.
16,000?
Yeah.
How?
I just upgraded level 5 twice.
Are you kidding me, bruh?
I know. You're jealous.
Wait, I'm getting critical hits, though.
I am jealous, actually, so get on my face, bruh.
Okay. Now I'm getting 18.
Okay, really? How's she doing this right now? How's she doing it?
Upgrade everything.
How you do it?
No, yeah, I think she's right. You just gotta upgrade the max level, the max one.
I need the max win. I need the max win.
Well, you're getting 18k per hit.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy, isn't it?
What?
20.
Yeah.
I am buns. What?
Oh my goodness.
Relax.
20,000 a hit is crazy.
Yo, she cheating. She cheating.
I'm getting 18,000 now, so I'm right behind.
Been known that. Do you upgrade efficiency as well, Mia?
Yeah, I have like some that are like kind of max. They say max, but I think you have to upgrade other stuff.
Nah, she lying.
All right, I'm about to get to max win.
She lying.
No, I don't lie here.
She lie.
Why you always lying?
24.
24, I'm at 21.
Dude, I gotta keep going. How are you catching up?
I'm doing it quicker than you.
I'm at 10k.
You gotta be quicker than that. Upgrade that, boom. Let's keep going, 24k. Oh yeah.
Okay, I gotta go.
Oh, Mia is looking grim.
Okay, hold on.
I think I'm just goated.
27, I gotta go.
27.
Yes, I'm hitting.
Okay, wait, hold on. 26.
Okay, I have a lead.
Almost there.
I should be good.
You're not gonna be good. You're gonna be buns.
Okay, upgrade this and this.
Yo, Mia's tryharding over there. She tryharding.
Okay, 30. Go!
No, I'm at 29.
Dude, I gotta go.
You Martin. Okay, I'm gonna do this for a little more, and then I'm gonna see if I can buy a weapon. I think a weapon would be goated.
It costs 2.5 mil, so be ready.
All right, I'm hopping in the AFK zone and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'm playing.
Wait, AFK zone?
Oh, nah.
No, that's buns.
Okay, hold on. I'm grinding this out.
I'm grinding actively right now.
I'm going for 2.5 mil now, so I can get that weapon.
Makes sense.
I'm curious. I need to see it.
Let me know if it's worth.
All right, boom. Get me to 2.5. I'm almost there.
What does auto do?
Yes. Perfect. All right, weapon shop. I want you.
I think Mia found something.
Hello.
Rich.
2.5 million unlock. Oh, that just unlocks the shop. And now you can buy a weapon. Wait, low key, are these weapons buns?
They might be, bro.
500 damage? Are you kidding me?
Right now, it's probably multiplied with your strength.
Yeah, true. I'll test it out. I'm gonna go buy a weapon after I get 1 million. 600k aura. I'm just staring at the right side of my screen right now.
Yeah, I'm like hitting a mil pretty quick.
Yeah, same. All right, there we go. Let's go buy a weapon. Oh, wait, I already have a weapon. What does this do? Maybe it only works on the nodes.
It might, from a distance.
Yeah, that would make sense. Let's just keep upgrading this, though, because Mia's still ahead, and I don't like that.
I'm at 56.
I'm at 34 because I went to go buy that thing.
Gotta go.
Finally at 36.
No. She grinding out here. She grinding the aura points.
I need 2.6 to max that. Okay, perfect. 62.
I need to max win. All right, let's go over here back to the weapon shop. I'm a little more curious about this. Yeah, increase your weapons base stats. Oh, I see. I need an egg along with that. Yeah, I don't really know if I can get that right now. What about the pet shop? Did you guys realize there's pets?
How do we get an aura?
Open pet shop.
Oh man, aura costs a lot.
Huh? You need like an egg. I don't know how to get the egg.
Oh, it just costs money.
Wait, how do you buy the egg?
Oh, really?
I'm not really sure.
Head to win.
The egg is somewhere around here.
Yeah, I looked. I couldn't find.
Nah.
So then I gave up and went to the punching bag.
Okay.
It'd be like that sometimes, you know?
Oh, nah.
I want to figure out what my gun does because I can't shoot at the punching bag. Maybe I can teleport over to
Can you kill Nico?
this area. I'll see if I can kill Nico. It doesn't work against the nodes either. Don't worry, guys. I'm the tester for everyone.
Hog.
All right, Nico. Hold still. No, can't hit him either.
I see.
All right, I'm finding things out.
Me too.
I'm not really sure why the nodes are here. If it's much slower than the punching bag, then there's just no use.
Well, you know, the thing called aura, and y'all just aren't leveling up your aura levels.
What do you mean?
What?
Don't worry about it.
I've been leveling up my aura levels.
Okay, how much do you get, Nico?
Don't worry about it. I'm going back to the punching bag.
Okay, really, bruh? I'm going back there too.
No, I think you do get aura, though.
I have aura.
I'm going to grind. All right, I'm getting 45k at least. It's not bad.
Okay, Bose.
Nico, how much you getting? Why are you hiding it?
45?
Oh, okay, so we're at the same level.
Actually, 71 now.
What? How you do it?
What about you, Mia?
96.
I don't know how you guys are doing this.
I have no idea either. I'm still at 48.
Nico is not catching me.
81.
100.
81?
135. 135.
Yo, what is going on? How? Don't laugh at me like that. I don't like it.
I'm laughing at Mia.
Stop, bro.
If you're laughing at Mia, you're laughing at me because I'm lower than Mia.
I'm about to catch up.
You are not gonna catch me, bro. I'm too locked in. 161.
Oh.
Yeah.
Get on my level.
161?
People get comfortable at the top.
Fair.
I'm only at 84. This is kind of buns.
No.
Zoe, what you at? We don't know what you're at.
Girl, I don't even know what I'm at.
She's running around the field.
Girl, me too.
Girl.
I just know the green thing says 0 and the blue thing says 500K.
Girl felt.
Okay.
That's not bad, actually. Oh, wait. I have 3.52 million. Let me upgrade some more. Boom.
Do I have that much money?
Do I got that much money? All right. Let's right-click this. I need to figure out how to get the eggs.
I can't even upgrade level 1 anymore. It requires like 2 mil or something.
Oh, my goodness. What the mutton?
My level 1, yeah, like I don't understand.
Okay, yeah, that's kind of crazy. I think I know the strat, though. I'm at 103,000.
Okay, bro.
That's not bad.
You know, I leave the punching bag for a second and then Mia is just like, AFK here, bruh.
Yeah, for real. Mia, you try hard.
I'm upgrading. I go to my phone every time I get it up.
Oh, nah. That's the strat. How much you getting per hit now?
217.
217?
Yeah!
What?
What the skibbity?
You gotta upgrade every single level and make sure to prioritize level 1.
That's what I'm doing.
Wait, actually?
Yeah, my level 1 costs like 2 mil now.
Oh, my goodness.
That's crazy. Wait, prioritize level 1 and then go up from there?
I do level... Oh, wait. I can't even tell my levels now. I'm like level 6 of level 1.
I'm shooting at this thing right now. I'm not really sure what it does, though.
All right, you know what? I'm gonna upgrade to the next node. I have a feeling that these nodes matter a little bit.
Oh.
Dude, I don't even know what the nodes are.
The nodes are in the other worlds.
I think it's the punching bag.
The punching bag is just the very start. All right, wait. I have 7 million. What am I doing?
No, you are over there. I got a different strategy.
What is your strategy?
Did you find an egg?
I don't know. I found something.
You found an egg? Seriously?
No, I found something called the mob room.
Okay.
What?
Okay. Sure, bud.
Mob room?
No, I know I did. What these are what the weapons are for.
Where are you at?
I'm dying.
Is it in the lobby or no?
I don't see him.
No, what's it called? It's in the mob room. The third stage of these nodes, the node areas.
Oh.
Okay. Third stage in the node areas. That's where we use the weapons. Got it. I'm gonna go there after I upgrade one more time.
I don't know what's better, grinding these nodes or grinding the punching bag.
Definitely the punching bag.
Punching bag's better when you're AFK, but the nodes are good for the bonus.
He's speaking.
You get a 357k bonus over here.
Okay, I'm getting 230k every time I punch now. That's not bad.
I need that bonus.
I'm gonna go teleport to the other areas though.
Yeah, no, the bonus is quite good because the time it takes to travel is actually makes up for the time it doesn't take to hit.
Okay, I have 3.3 million, so let's go to this stage. Hello. Mob room 1. I see what you're talking about now. Let's try and use my gun against these guys. Hello, Martins. What do you guys drop? Oh my goodness. Oh, ew. Yo. These guys are all crowding around me. It's like zombies.
Wait a second. Cash?
What?
Yo, bro, come over here.
Okay, I'm killing mobs right now. Hold on.
Should we be afraid?
Ugh.
Yeah, let's go follow them.
But I'm at 455.
Oh, okay.
I'm not really sure what killing monsters really does for you. I just killed a ton of them though. All right, what's over here?
Okay, wait. Click that thing underneath the waterfall.
Okay. What is that? Ugh. Oh, it's a secret. +5 strength. That's kind of goated.
Nice, Nico. Way to waste his time.
No, it's plus 5%.
What?
Yeah.
No.
Ya banza.
I'm coming over there. I'm coming over there.
+5%.
I'm coming over there. I need that.
I'm gonna take that too.
Look at her wasting her time coming over here now.
How do I teleport? Right click, teleport.
Don't worry about it, Mia. Don't worry about it.
No, hold up. Wait a minute.
I mean, even though you get more aura than us, you know,
We still win in the end.
we grind for knowledge.
Yeah, knowledge.
No, dude, I'm coming. Wait.
That's what's important over here. All right,
And I'm pretty sure my aura XP will add up.
I'm going to my upgrade shop.
Okay, I see them.
I want to upgrade my critical strike chance a ton. Ooh, I can upgrade this. I can upgrade this.
Under the waterfall, you say?
No.
What are you talking about? Oh, no.
Wait, let me do. Let me get.
Yes!
I'm back at the punching bag. I'm grinding out here.
Let me get one too. Let me get one.
Oh my gosh, I'm so goated.
You know, I'm not telling you about the next spot.
Yeah, hold up.
Oh my goodness gracious.
I'm not telling you about the next area. Okay.
Where are you?
Don't gatekeep, you Martin.
Okay, fine. It's in the upgrade shop.
Upgrade shop.
Oh, I think I already found that one.
All right, I'm buns.
Okay, there's mob room. Don't need that.
Holy moly, I have a lot of strength right now.
Where did I just end up? Hello?
Oh, wait.
Okay, 22 million. Now let's teleport to area 1. And then,
Wait, you guys can increase your movement speed as well. That's pretty good.
oh yeah, I'm gonna do that. Open, and let's upgrade
Does
critical strike chance.
Cash, did the weapons do anything?
Not that I found. I only used it to kill mobs. And I don't know what the mobs give.
You might use that on the aura section.
Ah, that is true. He's speaking.
You gotta get the aura tutor.
I upgraded my critical strike chance so that I can get ×2 more often.
I see.
Although, it's not really happening more often. Did I waste my time?
Possibly.
Nah.
The aura, the critical strength multiplier is pretty good.
Okay, I kind of want to check out the AFK zone real quick.
I know, my tutorial keeps telling me to go check it out.
Yeah. Oh, tutorial complete. Okay. Well, I should have done that a while ago. That was easy. Oh, you get a passive aura. Wait, it's kind of cool. So now I can just go on my phone and it'll go by itself. Yes, Martin. Yes.
Oh, let's go.
That's what I'm saying.
Nice.
I am so locked in.
Are you, Mia?
Oh, yeah, I got that 5%.
Oh. Okay. Activate. What does this mean? Aura changes. E-notations. I don't even know what that means.
I have no idea.
I don't really want a prestige.
Mia, what's your strength?
Well, I have 34 mil in the bank and 706 per.
I have an egg.
That's crazy.
Wait, where's the egg? Where's the egg?
I don't know how, but I have an egg.
No.
It's probably from killing mobs.
Oh, maybe.
Oh my gosh, I need to do that.
I want a pet. I want one.
Hold on. Dude,
Mia being competitive is crazy.
I'm cooking right now.
For real. Okay, I have enough. Can I get a mythic? Ooh. Okay, let's hatch.
I gotta see what that pet does for him.
Let's see. Pets. Did I even get a pet?
Maybe it's in your phone where you do teleport. Maybe it's there.
That's what I'm looking for. Oh, wait, I got a level 1 pet. Okay.
How much per? What does it do?
What does he do for me? Let's see. No. Oh, wait, I'm getting 400,000 every time I hit now.
Okay, I'm getting an egg. Don't pass me, guys.
Wait, where do you get the egg? Where do you get the egg?
I don't know how I got it. It could have been from killing a mob.
When you defeat mob, you get aura, eggs, boss keys, and diamonds.
Oh, I like it. All right, I'm going to the movement shop and I'm upgrading my movement speed.
Yeah, I'm gonna focus on movement right now because I think movement is really useful.
Oh, yeah, it's actually really goated. I like it.
Okay, my gun is level 7. I'm about to go kill some mobs.
What's your gun sound like?
Da-da-da-da-da.
Oh, nah.
All right, I'm locked. Okay.
While they're working on getting pets, I'm working on getting 40 mil. I want to upgrade that next area.
Where are the animals?
I need to get there. And I'm almost there. 37 mil, 39, 40. Yes. Now we must teleport.
I am so behind. What are you guys doing that I'm not doing?
I have no idea. I thought you already unlocked this stage. Stage 4? Boom. Wow, beautiful trees.
Well, you know, I'm kind of buns.
Why you being buns, bruh?
I don't know. How do I get an egg to upgrade my weapon's base stats?
I'm like fighting. I don't know how.
You just gotta kill all the mobs in there.
But they keep respawning.
Yeah, true. Maybe it's just to grind eggs. I'm over here grinding nodes.
Okay, surely I have enough eggs now. I gotta get out of here.
This new area is so sick.
Where's the punching bag?
All right, let's see if we can upgrade. Oh, wait, if I can get to 153 million, I can upgrade that efficiency. Is that even worth it? I don't know.
I've upgraded everything that I can right now.
To max?
No, not max.
I need a max win.
I would not let that happen. Hold up. Where's the eggs?
I need a max win.
Okay, I'm going to the pet shop. If I don't have an egg after all those mobs I just killed, I'm quitting.
Nah.
I quit. How do I not have an egg? You're kidding me!
You don't have an egg?
Why is there no egg? Hello?
You probably didn't kill enough.
I know I killed more than you. My gun is so OP.
What?
There's just no way. I don't understand.
Okay.
Oh, there we go. I got an egg. Nice.
How? Did you kill the mobs?
Oh, wait, let me in now.
I killed some mobs.
I want to fight some mobs.
I'm behind.
I want to get Mom.
You mad?
Yeah, I'm livid, actually.
I'm fighting mobs.
Stay livid.
Oh my god, they trying to kill me. They hit my kind of highway trying to leave. Die!
Dude, they're dangerous.
Die! All of you pets.
Stay livid, Mia.
Just wait.
No.
Wait, they can leave the area?
Ah! Zoe, run!
Do not leave the area. Oh my goodness, yo, they're all crowding around me right now. Get off of me.
Cash, they're chasing me! Help me!
What? Oh, I got an egg. Dubs.
Cash, help me! Dude, that is just so unfair. That is so unfair.
Zoe, I can't help you. I'm fighting like 30 million beasts.
I'm being chased!
I got you, Zoe.
They're eating on my butt. Get off me.
Oh, wait. I can't kill your mobs. Good luck. That's all you.
What?
Get off me, mobs. All of you die today. Ouch. I want more eggs.
Dude, how do I teleport away from them?
I'm not gonna lie. I think breaking the nodes is faster than the punching bag now.
Yeah, honestly, it's kind of goated. I got 2 eggs. This is Dubs. Let's teleport over back to this area. Perfect. And let's break these nodes. Although it takes a while to break this, so maybe it's not worth it. I don't know.
Come on.
I think I need to upgrade my stuff. Upgrade this a ton. Boom. And these.
I don't think Cash is on the method.
Am I not on the method?
I think you are.
Oh, I am? Dubs. I'm only getting 541k every time I hit, though. though. I don't know if that's goated or not.
That's good. That's good.
Is that bad?
I'm at a milli.
What? A milli?
My apologies.
A milli, a milli, a milli. Okay, Martin.
I was about to say that.
I'm at 600K.
I'm only at 400K. Zoe, what are you at?
I don't know, honestly. This game confuses me.
It confuses you.
A little bit.
It is confusing.
I'm just...
There's just a lot to it, but once you grind, it's good.
I just know I have 10 million. That's it.
10 million's a lot.
It's all good. Once I unlock the air element, I think I'll be chilling.
There's elements?
No, I'm playing.
Okay, Martin. Let's keep upgrading this efficiency. Boom. Okay. Now I'm getting 830K every time I hit. It's not bad. I believe I'm on the method, Mia.
How do you know when you receive an egg?
It shows on your screen.
I got one!
Oh my god.
Praise the Fortnite Evans!
Oh my god, no way. We've been on that, Mia.
Dude, it's my first egg!
It's her first day on the job. It's all good.
It's okay. You will learn one day.
Another egg!
What? She got another egg?
I am so locked, dude. I'm about to come back.
Are you kidding me right now, bruh?
My gun is like level 12. Like, I was wondering why I had no eggs.
And it sounds like ra-ta-ta-ta, you know?
Yeah, my gun sounds super goated. Okay, teleport.
I don't know about all that.
Teleporting to the valley.
Wait, I'm getting one mil every time I hit now.
No, how? How?
Yes.
How?
Yes, Martin, yes.
How does that make any sense?
This is good. This is amazing. Mia, am I ahead of you now?
I mean, I can come back from this. Give me a moment.
Is she gonna come back from this, though? I don't know. I don't know, Sigma Martin.
Because Mia's not doing the nodes.
Yeah, you gotta do the nodes.
Okay, wait. I'll do them. Hold on.
It gets you closer to the upgrading areas, and you could be right next to the mob room and stuff.
Okay, fine. I'll do the notes.
Fine.
Now you back at the punching bag. Ugh.
For real, why is she back over at the punching bag all the time?
Because I had to get my pet.
Why are you doing all that?
She doing too much.
Dude, this pet was useless. I don't even know why I got it.
For real. For real, she doing too much.
Okay, come on.
Oh, nah. Okay, what am I getting per hit now? 1.5 mil? Not bad, not bad.
I don't like this.
Oh, I love it.
I don't understand how I'm so far behind now.
I love it a lot.
I love it.
It's because you sucked your old strategies without adapting.
Okay. Stop.
She got too comfortable and didn't adapt. Now we got to head.
Hold on. Where's the exit? Okay, I see you guys.
Oh, you look for the exit. I'm gonna look for the money. You know what I mean?
Okay, hold on. I'm stealing your stuff.
I'm literally...
Because I got my eye on it, you feel me?
Yeah, he's always got his eyes on the money.
The money?
Okay, I'm in the same area as you.
Okay, she's probably gonna beat me because I only have 600K per hit.
Nah.
Okay, wait.
600K?
This could be cooked.
I'm getting almost 2 mil every hit.
How? Like, I don't understand. Like, you can't just pass me like that.
Yes, I can.
Da-da-da-da.
It's because I'm goated. I am goated, Mia.
You're something.
I am goated. Wait.
Oh, it's because every single time you break one, you get like 16 million. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Well, Mia, you were behind.
No,
If only you knew.
I'm just...
Only you knew the node strat.
No, dude, come on.
She don't know the node strat.
Dude, this is fire.
That's what I'm saying.
This is fire, Zoe.
This is fire.
Oh, this is fire.
Hey, Cash, when you get 75 million, you can unlock the auras in the lobby.
Oh.
She's probably gonna do that.
Wait, I can get to 75 mil easy. Let me do that. Yeah. All right. 72 mil and 78. Let's go to the lobby. Teleport.
I'm about to unlock it too real quick.
Aura time. It's this way. This way.
This way. Go to the aura tutor.
Mmm.
All right.
A master always stays a student. Hello. Upgrade.
I don't know what that did,
Okay, now what do I get?
but
Yeah, I'm not really sure what that did, to be honest.
well, you could activate your aura. Right click your thing and then activate it.
Oh, activate aura. Whoa. What did that do?
Whoa. Okay, it like doubled how much you get. That's crazy.
Oh my goodness. 4.65 million?
No! There's no way!
Yo, that is insane.
No, dude, I'm getting... No, I have enough for aura. I'm going.
Holy moly. This is crazy.
Where's the aura?
Wow. I love it.
No,
When you chat when you don't adapt?
no, dude, I see the aura. I'm getting one now.
POV, you don't adapt?
Chat, is she cooked?
I'm not cooked!
Chat, is she cooked?
I'm going. Okay, give me aura.
Oh no, I lost my aura charge. Oh no.
Yeah, you see the cooldown on it?
Wait, what's the cooldown? Where is that? Oh.
It's 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
That's what I'm saying.
Oh my gosh!
I don't got 15 minutes.
How do I turn on my aura?
That's crazy.
I don't got 15 minutes.
I need more aura.
But it's okay. It doesn't matter. I still get 2.64 mil even without the aura.
Just wait till she realizes there's a cooldown.
But how do I turn it on? How do I turn on the aura?
Don't worry.
Okay, hold on.
You have to right click the phone
Right click the phone.
and then you click activate.
Okay, hold on. Yeah.
And it activates it for like a minute.
I'm locked.
Wait, which aura did you get?
I don't even know. It's glowing and it's a sun. I get 19 mil per.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh my.
No, wait, 3. Just 3.
She scared me for a second.
What?
That would have been crazy.
What the skibbity toilet?
I would have gotten on my hands and knees just then.
I would have raised the white flag.
The aura levels are too high.
All right, let me go back over to the valley. Is there a better aura I can get? Because I like this one, but I want another.
Oh, sorry. Did not see you were breaking that tree. Not trying to be a little stealer.
Aura tutor?
Oh my goodness. Increase the duration of the aura. Oh, dubs. Okay.
I don't know if I should be going for pets or what's the strat here.
They're terrible.
Says you, but you're the non-adapter, so.
No, dude. I wasted my time with the pets.
Nah, true. Non-adapters, rise.
Come on, dude. I can't let Nico pass me. Like, that would be an all-time low.
Nah, I am less strong than you. It's okay.
Oh, thank goodness.
How much you getting per hit, Mia?
1.73 mil.
Well, I get an 877.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how Cash is so far ahead. It doesn't make any sense. Like,
Yeah, Zoe's about to steal my tree.
No, it's chill. Just a slight 3 mil a hit.
how many do you get?
3 mil.
It doesn't make sense. Like, I don't understand how you passed me. Like,
I'm the goat. Act like I don't know.
dude, no, you're actually cheating. You're cheating.
But heck, I'm obviously winning.
I'm just that go. Oh, guys, the 30 minutes has concluded.
Oh,
And I believe I'm the strongest in the game.
Are you serious?
3 million a hit.
this is rigged.
Okay, well, at least me didn't win.
Dude.
If this video hits 10,000 likes, then we'll continue and see who can get the furthest in an hour. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe!
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Uh-oh. Huh. All right, well, this is gonna be a fun video. You guys have been asking me to play Hello Neighbor for years now. So today, I'm finally gonna do that, but I'm gonna make it interesting. I'm gonna have this trusty little shotgun with me. So yeah, guys, I found this mod that basically gives you this OP shotgun. And as you saw in the intro there, my neighbor locked a kid inside of his basement. So my goal is gonna be to rescue him. And if you already know this game, you'd probably already know that the child that's down there is his son. Now, I don't know why a man would lock his son in the basement, but I'm not gonna let that happen. If I wanna get into there, I need to get a red key so I can actually unlock that. And I'm pretty sure the red key is somewhere on the second floor and we have to do a bunch of puzzles to get to it. But I don't like puzzles. And I also don't like my neighbor, so boom! Look at how far these things fly. Like, buddy, how did a drawer get out here? How far can I launch it? Oh, and it's gone. Hey, Mr. Neighbor, I'm going to mess up. Oh God. I was gonna trash talk him, but he kind of snuck up on me. Hey, neighbor, come on out, buddy. I want to tell you something. Yes, come near me. Go away. Okay, that was a bad idea. You're not gonna be able to get to me. Stop throwing your tomatoes. Yeah. Oh my God, I shot the doors off the car. Wait a second. Is there an item in here I can grab? Yo, I just got the magnet that quickly. And this guy keeps annoying me. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here now. We need to find that red key, so I'm gonna go to the back of the house. I need to be careful with this gun because sometimes it breaks parts of the game, like doors especially. But let's see, can I shoot this window open? I can. I'm pretty sure I can also use this to, like, launch myself up. Wait. I could probably just beat the game like this. Hello, neighbor. Goodbye. Oh my God. Land in the roof. Land in the roof, buddy. You got this. Ugh. Oh my God. I made it up. And look at this. He's not chasing me anymore. I could just make my way inside. And where's that red key at, buddy? Gotta be somewhere around here, right? Oh. I would have had to do like a million steps usually, but thank goodness I have this gun. All right, now give me that key and we're gonna have to get out of here. Oh, wait, hold on. I just realized I'm already inside the house. Why don't I just go through, there we go. That's a lot more like it. I don't think chairs are supposed to do that. I also think this gun does a lot more than just breaking one door. It looks like it goes through layers of stuff. Hello? What was that? All right. I don't think I need this gold key since I already kind of cheated my way through the top. Okay, I'm getting launched. But let's try and make it down to that basement door now. There's a wall in my way. Move it! Oh my goodness, wait. Get out of my way. Hello, neighbor. Goodbye, neighbor. Okay, basement door. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, okay. He's chasing me. He's chasing me. Here it is. Let me... Stop. Okay, the items are glitching. Wait a second. Do I even need the key? Can I just... Ain't no way. Oh my god. I made it to the basement. For my first time playing this game on my channel, I'd say that's not a bad time. We did Act 1 in like 8 minutes. Now we have to just get through this area. I'm pretty sure we have to go through the washing machine. I've seen other YouTubers play this game, but I just need my gun. Where's it at? Oh, there you are. All right, perfect. You're gonna make this a lot easier on me, buddy. All right, now I believe we just go through here. I think I busted down the door. Sorry about that. And now we gotta escape this area. Do I need to shoot you? I think I did it. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're stuck in a fake room. Looks like the neighbor set all of this up, and I need to still somehow escape. I got my shotgun to help me, but this shotgun isn't gonna help me with strategy. Now, let's see. Oh, that's right. We have to go through here. Open up, Mr. Gate. Thank you. And now, let's see. Does this couch have anything to do with my escape? Sorry about that. We're gonna just move on this way. Hello there, Mr. Fridge. Boom. All right, I need to stop messing around with this gun. Oh, mannequin. I'm not gonna do it. Y'all thought I was gonna shoot him. Come on, I'm not a monster. Okay, now I need to get to that side somehow. Wait, can I just... Let me... Never mind. I was gonna try and jump over the fence, but that's gonna be a little hard to do. Hello, Mr. Mannequin. Is it okay if I go through that gate that you're standing next to? You gonna say anything? All right. Well, let's open you up. There we go. And I see the exit, but unfortunately, the lever, it doesn't work. The reason it's not working is because we need power, which is right over there. So I'm gonna have to get around that way. Move out of my way, Mr. Chair. I'm gonna go open that. Wait, I forgot you can actually check through the keyholes. Okay, he's nowhere nearby. Let's open the door very carefully. Oh, a brick wall? Move out my way. Thank you. Okay, here we go. I'm kind of scared. Open up, buddy. TV, I need you to shut up. Thank you. Always making ominous sounds. All right, let's move this chair out of the way. I'm kind of scared I'm gonna get jumped in the middle of this. No, this is not the right way to go. Oh my God, it's too dark. This place is like a giant maze and I'm just trying to get to the power. Oh, wait. Wait. I think I just broke it, and now we can get to the power successfully. Oh, perfect. Now, I just need to get back over there. I broke the door. Why is this gate indestructible, though? Okay, let's just go back from the way that we came. Here we go. All right, exit time. Uh-oh. How did you get back here? How'd you get back here, huh? Go away. Go away, Mr. Neighbor. I'm trying to get out of this place. Oh, that's a lot of locks. I can't break it. Go away. Okay, well, that didn't work, but we made it to Act 2. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is beyond my knowledge. I'm not really sure exactly what happens past Act 1. I remember the candles being important, but where's my gun? Oh, there it is. I love being able to spawn it whenever I want. All right, door, do you open? I don't take no for an answer. All right, I didn't want to do it. And thank you. I'm just gonna scoop. Sorry. All right, door, I need you to move. Okay, buddy? Thank you. And we're stuck in another fake room. The neighbor upstairs just loves to do this to me, huh? He's always building fake rooms to try and mess with me. I don't like it. Okay, now let's get out of this place. I'm pretty sure we have to go through this vent, but the only way to open it is by getting, like, an item. Do I really need an item? I have a gun. And now we just get free passage. Oh, thank you so much. Mr. Neighbor, don't tell me you're hiding somewhere around here. You better not jump on me right as I go to climb that ladder. All right, you know what? We're just gonna go for it. Get me out. Get me out. Yes. Okay, we made it out of the basement. Be careful. Oh, God. Okay. 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 I need to be very sneaky, buddy. What's this? Oh, I don't care about it. You don't really need any items when you could just spawn in a gun, guys. Okay, we're gonna need to find a way on top of this house because then I believe I could jump over the fence. Okay, you are getting annoying, buddy. Don't make me do it. Don't make... God, I had to do it. All right, what do you say we break this thing open, guys? Boom. Let me in. Oh, God, he's coming. Oh, God. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's coming. Boom. Go, 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 go. Oh, my God. I just need to get to the top, okay? I just need to get to the top. Thank you very much. Where am I going? Oh, God. And, oh. Great, I just ended up back out here. Here, let's see. Maybe I could just climb this ladder. How do I reach the top? I see the trampoline. I believe I need to make it there to actually escape this place. Wait, I could just use this gun. Wait. Look at this, guys. Let's get up here to the roof. There we go. Don't die of fall damage. Perfect. And now, you know what? I'm just going to try and make this jump. Easy. Easy mode. Oh, God. I failed. Okay. I think I might have died of fall damage. Wait, I'm just now realizing, can I just shoot this gate? Oh, God. I got to be quick. Boom. Oh! He killed me. I think I shot the gate. Oh, my goodness. Well, I think we can make it out now. Get me on the trampoline, buddy. Oh, God. Wait, how do I get on top of this? Go away. Can I launch myself onto the trampoline? Oh, my God. Yes. Yes. Get me out. Get me out. Easiest escape of my life. Is he gonna chase after me? Oh yeah, you better go back. You better leave me alone, buddy. I'm just trying to make it back home. I think we escaped. Our weird neighbor is no longer on our booty cheeks. How is he gonna kidnap me? Oh God, I just woke up. Act 3. This does not look like my house. It looks like I'm in an apartment now. Is this my apartment? Wait a second. I'm not a kid anymore. I'm an adult and I'm living by myself. Wait, that's kind of sad. Huh. I guess the neighbor isn't annoying us anymore. We don't really have to deal with him. Can I eat these eggs? Man, I don't want to live here. This is sad. I'm literally depressed right now. Yeah. Who knocking on my door? I swear, if that's my neighbor. Did you come back to bother me 20 years later? He dropped a letter? You know what? I'll take it. Oh my goodness, I am old. Wait, what is that? Evicted? Am I getting kicked out of my apartment? Aw, dude, this is depressing. No. We're actually moving out. Dang, dude. Where are we gonna move out to? I'm too broke to afford another apartment. Why am I taking an apple with me? Okay, really? Dang, bro. All right, let's hit the road. Where are we going off to, buddy? We going to a new city? No. We are not going back home, buddy. Are you kidding me? We were supposed to leave this area because of our crazy neighbor. Why are we going back now? Wait a second. Is that my neighbor's house? Why was it completely destroyed? Well, I guess we don't have to worry about our neighbor, I guess, right? Oh my goodness. He's just gone. Buddy, did you tear down your house? Oh my goodness. I don't like the fact that I'm just creeping around here. What was that? I saw that. Oh, heck no. I need to spawn my gun in. Where's my gun at? No. Oh, he's gone. All right, well, you know what? We're moving back into our old house. It may be a little ugly, but we can fix it, okay? At least we don't got to deal with our dumb neighbor. Now, where did I leave my keys at? It looks like, oh, it's here in my trunk. Okay, how is my phone ringing if no one's been living here for the past 20 years? Does that make sense to anybody else? Huh. This life just gets more and more depressing. Oh, man. Are my parents no longer with us? Wait, what happened? Hey, whoever's calling my phone, I'm not answering. Okay, buddy? Oh, gosh. Yeah, I'm really gonna need to fix up this place. Was somebody out here? No, I guess not. All right, fine. I'm going to pick up the phone. What do you want? Huh? Bro, I don't trust this. Who would be calling a phone at an abandoned house? I saw him. I saw the shadow. Oh, God. Really? We're going to sleep on a couch that's covered? At least take the cover off, buddy. Why are we sleeping at this point? What? How is he back? Buddy, it's been like 20 years. No, this is cruel. Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no. I thought it was over, but it's not over. I think we may be in a nightmare right now because how is all my stuff back? I thought we abandoned this house, buddy. Can I still spawn my gun? Oh, thank goodness. All right, well, I guess it's time to go save that kid. This is gonna be easy, honestly. Now, which point do I start in? The first floor or the millionth floor? Let's just go in through the first floor. Excuse me. Oh God, is somebody in here? This is such a bad idea. This door doesn't want to open. I'm not gonna shoot it just yet because the more I shoot things in this house, the more it becomes cluttered, buddy. That doesn't want to open. Oh, he saw me. Oh, he saw me, bloody. Let me out the window. Let me out the window. Don't make me so. Whoa! All right, that's it. I'm using the gun now. You've annoyed me way too much, Mr. Neighbor. Yeah. That's right. Yeah, come at me, buddy. I'm just gonna keep doing this. All right, can I just jump up? Let me see if I can get to the top of this house. Excuse me, neighbor. Sorry. Sorry. Thank you. And yeah, I landed on a train track. Why is there train tracks in this house? Oh God. Okay, let's just let's make our way through here. Can I get downstairs? I hate the fact that I hear the chasing music. It makes me think I'm gonna die. Why is there a door in the okay, we're just gonna ignore what we saw and all right, every door just leads to nothingness. Luckily I have a gun that can help me get anywhere I want to. Let's see, can I save myself from fall damage if I just keep shooting before I land? Yeah, please. Oh, it actually worked. Okay, I don't know where he is, but I'm gonna try and just get in through the side. What is this? Wait, there's a ladder in here. What's this door? It needs a green lock. Wait. Oh! Oh! Where am I? Oh no. Why are there robots? Whoa! Get inside the locker. Oh, yikes. Hey, I'm not in here, buddy. That's a lot of robots. Oh, and they're angry. They're angry robots. Okay, so when they turn red, that means I have to hide immediately. Oh! How did I just do that? Okay, and now the alarm bell just rang. So I'm pretty sure whenever that bell rings, all the robots stop, but then the supervisor comes out, and now they're back to work. Okay, so right as we hear the bell ring, we're gonna get out the locker and we're gonna run. Oh, but the supervisor's right there. Yeah! Okay, run. Jump into the locker. Yes, good. Alarm rings. Oh, supervisor's right there. Okay, supervisor's there. Run. Run to the locker, Are you kidding me? All right, I've tried that like 100 times. You know what? We're just gonna go use our gun to escape. I can't do that without my gun, sorry. I think I needed it to get this blue key, but you know what? I got this mod for a reason, guys. I'm not dealing with all that. Now I need to somehow get up to that door. I think I need to climb somehow. I don't know how I'm gonna unlock that from here. Can I use my gun to jump? Please? Oh, come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, you got this. Wait. Oh my goodness, wait, I can actually do it. I just need that doorway to move. Okay, there we go. Now I just need to jump into that hole somehow. Come on. Oh, I did it. Oh, okay. Now we got a shopping cart. Wait, a shopping cart? Why am I pushing a shopping cart down a railroad? Oh, no. I hate these robots so much. I think if I crouch, it actually hides me, though. Oh, wait. That's actually fire. Now, wait a second. I'm pretty sure I know what we need to do. We need to get certain items and bring them to the end, right? The items that we need are apple juice, orange juice, jam, pickles, and chips. How do I know that? I searched it up. Listen, guys, you can call me a cheater all you want. I'm literally using a mod in Hello Neighbor, so I think it's been pretty obvious that I'm cheating. Okay. Oh, yikes. I think I see the pickles up there. I just need all these guys to go away. All right. There was one right behind me. Okay, grab the pickles, buddy. Got it. Yes, go in there. Oh, man. Okay, I hear them around me. Wait, that guy has stuff in his cart. Is this jam? I can't tell. It looks like jam, so I'm grabbing it. Oh, bloody. Okay, my cart's over here. Oh, yikes. Get in there. No. Get. Oh, my God, my cart. Go in. All right, well, the jam just disappeared. There we go. It's in. It's in. Okay. Now I just gotta push this cart. Wait, that guy has orange juice. Should I steal it? No. Is this orange juice? I could just take it. Yes. Okay, okay. We got the orange juice. Oh my god, go in. Yes. Okay, now I just need apple juice and chips. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Oh god, wait, is this the end? No. Okay, don't go. Don't go to the end yet. Where the apple juice at? Oh, this is apple juice, right? Get in there. Go. Oh my god. Please. Stop it. Yes, okay. Apple juice is in. Now we just need the chips. And for those of you guys saying to spawn your gun, I'm literally trying. It's not working at this part for some reason. I see the chips. I think. Oh my god, but there's like people around it. Can you move? Run, 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 run. I got chips in my hand. Or at least I think these are chips. Going. Yes. Okay, now here's the moment of truth. I believe if all 5 of those lights turn green, that means I did this correctly. This is my first time doing it, guys. Come on. Come on. That's gotta be all correct. I'm not doing all that again. That was, like, impossible. Please. Can you scan my stuff? Don't make me spawn a gun. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Yes. Yes. I did it! Goodbye. Thank you. Oh, wait. I don't need this shopping cart anymore. Oh, God. Why am I stuck? No. Oh, thank goodness. I thought I got stuck for a second. Goodbye. I'm out of here. Okay, the robots might be the most infuriating part of this game. What did I just spawn in? Okay. Now, since I did that, can I just use this gun to go into the basement? Okay. Obviously, I can't jump out. What did I just do? This is awesome. I think I just glitched onto an object. All right, let's go down here. Don't die of fall damage. And now we need to make it into the basement. I think I'm just going to shoot the door, okay? I'm not going to get all the supplies needed for that. So let's make a run for it. Go. Oh, you're right there. Okay, shoot the door. Shoot it open. Go away, buddy. Go away. Run. Get in. I did it. Oh my god. Okay, 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 okay. And now, oh, we're back in here. Can I just open this? Yeah, easy. Can't spawn my gun in here, but that's fine. I think. I hope. Oh, jeez. It's another fake room, but this time it's a little different. I can escape this easy peasy, buddy. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Open that. All right. These dumb TVs, they're always making scary sounds. I have a feeling someone's gonna be around here. Oh god. Hello? What is that? Is that somebody looking? Is that a robot? I don't mess with no robots, buddy. What do I do? Wait, that's the ghost that I saw earlier. I died. Okay. Wait, so was I just supposed to crouch here and then wait for him to fully pass? What? Oh, wait. Okay, I just had to be more patient. Now I'm in a side... Dude, why is this hallway sideways? I didn't break it, did I? I see the exit. Oh, my God. Please tell me I can spawn a gun in here. No, I can't. Okay, we're gonna have to do this manually. Let's hope I'm smart enough. Oh, God. Is anyone through there? Doesn't look like it. All right, open up, buddy. Brick wall. Dude, I can barely see anything. I need to get over this gate somehow. Can I jump? Wait, can I jump from back here? I feel like I can make that. Let me grab a chair real quick. All right, boom. And now... Oh! I don't know how I just did that, but I did it. Guys, I saw that trick online. You can use the chair to just jump over that. All right, not that impressive? Sorry. Okay, let's exit now. Let me out. Oh! Mr. Neighbor, how did you get down there? Buddy appeared in my dreams. Are you kidding me? All right, Mr. Neighbor. What's up? All right, guys, I've gotten to this point like 3 times, but it looks like every time I go to the door, the neighbor does not want to let me through because I kind of used a gun to skip through some of these parts. So look at this. It's supposed to let me push him off there. I searched it up, but it keeps respawning me back here. So you know what? I'm just going to go back outside. We're going to come back here with our gun and I'm going to spam it everywhere. This game has frustrated me way too much. All right, either way, I don't think the gun is even available in the final act. So if you guys want to see me do a real playthrough of this game without any mods, leave a like and subscribe. Do whatever you want. I think I actually liked modded more than normal. But yeah, either way, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.